Hey guys, today we're playing Bad Parenting. This game has terrified me for the past month, but you guys really want me to play it. So let's hop in, unfortunately. Hello? Okay, oh, it's just my mom. Hi, Mom. Now, apparently my parents are very bad. You know that from the title. Apparently they treat me how you're not supposed to treat your child.
Mom, you're late home again.
Come on, I was busy with work. Can you have some sympathy for me?
Okay.
But today's my birthday.
Aww.
Oh, of course. I know that.
She did not know that. Mom, you forgot my birthday, didn't you?
Then where's my gift?
Yeah, Mom. Where is my gift? I'd love to ask you that.
Have you ever heard of Mr. Redface? On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they're all asleep.
You cannot trick me. He is not the Tooth Fairy. I've never heard of Mr. Redface. Has anyone else heard of that?
Really?
Of course. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away.
I'm going to bed right now, Mom.
Dang, this is kind of sad. I'm like wasting my birthday away. And I bet you my mom's lying to me. She's probably just going to go out, leave the house, and go get me a gift last minute. Oh, well, that's me. Ugh.
You're fooling the kid again. How many times have you come home this late?
I was working, and my shift ended late.
Bull crap.
We gotta censor out that word right there.
You think I'm an idiot, don't you?
Yo. Ugh.
Hey, little punk, get back to your room.
Dad, I thought you were on my side. What's going on here? I don't think yeah, okay, I can see why this game's called Bad Parenting. These parents are horrible.
Don't stand here eavesdropping on grown-up conversations.
Yo, I was talking to my mom first. What?
Okay.
I feel so bad for this kid. I feel bad for myself. I'm the kid. I'm playing the kid. Have fun talking, Mom and Dad. Jeez. I guess I'm just supposed to go to my bedroom and go to sleep? Why is this house layout so weird? Am I the only one thinking this? Like, look at this kitchen and this giant hallway. Okay, wait. That's not my bedroom. I can barely even see anything. Is this my bedroom? It's the only door that's open, so I'm gonna go in here. Thank you very much, game. All right. I don't really want to go to bed, but I guess I kind of have to, right? All right, fine. I'm going to... I can't even... let me enter the bed. I can't even go in. What you mean? That's not where I'm supposed to go, huh? Can I watch some TV? Get a little bit of... Nope. Can't open the closet either. All right, well... I'm getting the feeling that this is maybe the wrong room. I feel like I'm not supposed to be in here. Oh, this is my room. Of course, I get the little poopy bed in here. Oh. I don't think I closed that door. Let's just ignore it. I guess we just go to bed now. I don't really like this. Someone's gonna appear at the door and I'm not ready for it. Okay. Good night. Okay. Okay. Really? I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna happen and I still jumped. Can I get out? Yo, someone's walking. Someone's walking. I hear footsteps coming towards me right now. Oh God, don't bust through the door. Hello? Who is that? Hi. Are you my dad? You're not my dad. You're a Tung Tung Sahur. What is that? Hi. Are you gonna kill me? Is this a bad dream? Yo, I'm so jumpy right now. He's about to... Am I good? Am I alive? Hello? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna assume that was just a bad dream. I hope. Did I get my present? What is this?
Is that the gift from Mr. Redface?
No way that was Mr. Redface. That guy was terrifying. Hi. Cool, I got a puppet.
Hi, I'm Ron.
Oh no, it talks.
What? You could talk?
Of course, because I was created by magic.
You even have the same name and appearance as me.
That's right, my master made me just for you.
But your neck seems a bit loose.
It's okay, sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is just a small flaw compared to the other dolls. What's important is that from now on, I'll be your best friend.
That sounds wonderful. Do you want to play something with me?
My master stored my toys in the closet. Can you get them for me?
What do you mean, toys? How do you have toys? You're supposed to be the toy. You're the doll, bro. All right, if they're in the closet, I guess I'll get them. Okay, yep. No, we're not going in the closet.
The closet is still stuck? Can you try that again?
I really don't want to, doll. Why are you making me get your... Look, it's not working. Okay?
I've tried my best. I can't open it. Do you want me to do something else?
I'm hungry.
You're a doll. Can you even eat?
No, you'll be the one eating, but I'll be able to feel everything you eat.
What?
My master linked all of your senses and emotions to me, so I can easily understand you.
Wow, that's amazing.
No, that's not amazing. That's like some voodoo witchcraft type. I don't want to deal with this. This doll can feel everything I feel. So if I scratch my nose... Nah, he doesn't have a nose. All right, let me go get some food. Let me stop messing around too much. Okay. Yep, still scaring me. What kind of food do you even want to eat? Can I just place you right there? Oh, cool. I don't know how you're standing on 2 legs, but yeah, it's totally not because you're like possessed or anything, right, Mr. Doll? Now, where do I get the food from? Oh, the microwave, of course. There's just a wine bottle here. I think that's my parents.
You're reading this letter at 1 p.m., aren't you, sleepyhead? I've prepared your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. You know I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating.
All right, Mom. Well, looks like you know me too well. We got triangular spaghetti. Am I supposed to eat this? You've got to be kidding me. All right, I take my medicine after I eat. That's what the note said, at least. Well, time to eat some food. Some triangular spaghetti.
Is that your favorite dish? Do you want to see me perform some magic?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll make this plate of food never run out. Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to its original state.
Wait, can we actually do that? Because that's kind of cool. That's like an infinite money glitch, but with food. That's like an infinite food glitch. No way. Yo!
Wow, that's amazing. What else can you do?
I don't think he could do much else. All he does is... What? What's going on? Is he moving the wine bottle? No. Hey, I'm just a kid, by the way. I don't think you should... Don't make me... Did that doll just drink wine? And why is he still doing it? Hey! Oh!
What just happened?
I just got jump scared.
I don't know. You guess.
Oh no, the bottle. My dad's gonna whoop my butt. I hope he's still asleep.
Your dad? Don't worry. My master has taken your dad away.
What do you... What?
What did you say?
What do you mean you took my dad away? I mean, yes, he was a very bad father, but I don't think you should have taken him away like that. I feel like we should have maybe called the police on him or something. That might have been a better idea. Dad? Dad? No, okay, he wouldn't be in my room. He'd be in this room, right? Dad? Oh! My doll's here! So you can teleport. I like that. So seriously, what'd you do with my dad? Because, I mean, this is not cool, dude.
Where's my dad?
As I said, my master has taken your dad away.
Why?
Because your dad is a bad person. He often hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by my master to protect children like you.
But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that.
He's a bad person.
No, he's not. Please, let my dad go. I'm begging you.
Yeah, I feel like just kind of taking my dad away without telling me is not the right thing. You should have, like, asked me or something. Right? Okay, maybe not. I don't want you to kill me anyways, Mr. Doll.
All right. But my master won't like this. It's quite a long way to where your dad is being held. You'll have to use a shortcut if you want to get there in time to save him.
A shortcut? What kind of shortcut we talking? Like time travel? We could just go back in time and get him. You got magic powers, right?
Show me the way.
The shortcut is through your closet.
My closet? How is that possible? Dude, this closet or the one in my room? Oh, okay, the one in my room, I'm guessing. Is there gonna be like a portal there or something for me? I don't know how there's a shortcut. Unless there's a secret entrance that I didn't know about. Maybe I just have to pull one of the... Oh, he's pointing at the closet. Okay.
You still can't open it?
Yo, quit making fun of me, bruh!
That's disappointing. I guess we'll have to use your parents' closet then.
Aw, what? Alright, fine. You know what? Back to my parents' room, I guess. I'm going. Alrighty. Just gonna open my...
You should know that these closets can function as portals.
That's what I said! I said portals earlier.
They can take you to anywhere you want, including where your dad's being held.
Yeah, where exactly is he being held?
Give it a try.
Alright, if my dad's just in the closet right now, I'm gonna be... Okay, he's not in there. There's no portal.
There's nothing in here.
Oh, right. I forgot. There are a few steps you need to take to activate this shortcut.
Like what?
Bring your dad's radio and place it in front of the closet.
Yo, what kind of ritual is this? I gotta place a radio in front of the closet just to get the portal to open? Alright, I doubt this is gonna work, but...
This radio will work like an elevator button. You need to select a frequency first. If you choose the right frequency, the door will open to the place you need to go.
Yo, I feel like this is some buns talk. Alright, is that the right frequency? Dad? Oh!
Seems like that's not it. Let's try again.
Okay, we're just gonna open portals until we find my dad. I feel like there's a lot of... I'm hearing water. I feel like I shouldn't open that. What is that? Ah! No! No! What was that? Let's choose a different frequency. Okay, I thought I heard water. What is this gonna be? Is this the right portal? Is this where you're holding my dad?
I think this is the one. Go ahead and step in. I'll stay here and watch the house.
Yeah. Let me just go in alone, bro. Oh, God. Oh, my God. That was terrifying. What in the world did I just look at? Daddy! You need to come home right now. I know some weird people took you, but I'm not... who are you? What is that? Hi.
What's up?
I'm looking for my dad.
Describe.
My dad's name is Bruce.
Wait a moment.
What do you know about my father?
There are many Bruces here. Any more details? Is this Bruce a good Bruce or a bad Bruce?
Well, my dad is the kind of person who gets a bit angry.
So he's a bad Bruce. Let me see.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you probably keep those guys somewhere bad, huh?
There are still many bad Bruces. More specifics, please. What else does he do?
He often yells.
Still not enough info.
Sometimes he hits me. And slaps too.
And?
That's all.
The door's behind you.
What do you mean the door's behind me? What? So, you found the Bruce? How many different Bruces are there? Am I gonna walk to a Bruce? Oh! Really? Really? We got more dolls?
He just got startled.
Who are you guys?
Just like you. We're kids on our way to find our parents. We're staying here for a bit. Do you want to join us?
No, I'm good.
I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Okay, see you later.
Yeah, cool. You guys enjoy your fire. I don't know how y'all just jumped out at me like that, but I'm gonna go find my dad. Thank you very much. Good luck finding your parents too, I guess. All right. Is that my dad? Is that my dad? Are you okay, Dad?
Dad?
Please stop punishing me.
It's me, Dad.
Please stop punishing me.
What has he done to you? Come on, let's go home, or Mr. Redface will take both of us.
Please stop punishing me.
I'm not punishing you, Dad. I'm trying to get you out of here, bruh. I don't think he's savable, unfortunately. I think we just gotta leave him be. Well, sorry, Dad.
Spell.
Okay. Spell what? Oh! Really? Really, doll? You took me to a portal? My dad's being tortured in there! Oh. Mom. Hi, Mom. Are you angry? Oh my god. Okay, I didn't know your neck could twist that. Mom?
Hey! What's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet?
Mr. Redface has taken Dad.
Yeah. He just took Dad. Like, Mom, you're creeping me out.
Oh. Well, that's a good thing then.
I'm not joking. It's a long story, let me explain.
How is your doll Ron doing today? Is it all right?
The doll? Mom, how do you know about it?
Of course I know, since you haven't taken your medicine today.
Oh, yeah. Forgot to take my medicine. Oops.
This isn't the first time you've had such hallucinations. Every time you tell a different story, but the common factor is always that stupid doll. Don't you remember the previous times?
No.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
Hey, Mom! Who says that to their child?
Just go to bed. It's midnight already.
All right, Mom. As long as I don't like you, Mom. You're the worst mom in the world. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Can I at least take my medicine before I go to sleep? Or is that a bad idea? I heard something. I heard something in my room, and I really don't want to go in here. Oh my god. Oh my god, my doll's floating! My doll's floating! Ah! Can I call the cops? No? Okay. Looks like I just gotta face the doll then. Oh god. Hi. Ah! Who is that? Ah, no! Mr. Redface! Did I just die? Oh god, Mom. I don't like seeing your face.
What just happened, son? Are you all right?
No! Do I look alright, Mom? What do you think? I just got attacked. Oh my god. Stop looking at me like that, Mom. Ew. Why is the mom creepier than anyone else?
Do you feel better now?
Yeah, Mom. It's Mr. Redface.
It's all right. Tomorrow I'll take a day off to stay home and take care of you.
Really? Promise me, Mom.
I promise. Now, go back to sleep.
Yes, Mom.
I don't know if I want to. I don't want my mom to take care of me. She's no better than anything else I've dealt with. Oh, God. Hello?
Mom?
I knew it. She abandoned me.
You've broken the promise again.
Yeah, I got like the worst parents in the world, obviously. There's no way I actually trusted my mom to stay there the whole night. She don't care about you, bruh. And she never will, unfortunately. Oh, God. Okay. Should I go into my parents' room? Let's do it. Mom? Wait, no, this is my room. I guess I was sleeping in my parents' room, huh? Why is there a bucket in my room? Yo, I'm just now finding this out. All right, Mr. Doll. What happened to you? You don't look the same.
What happened to you?
My master beat me up. He wasn't happy about what happened yesterday.
I'm sorry. This is my fault. By the way, have you seen my mom anywhere?
My master has taken her away.
My mom, too?
What?
It just happened. I'm sorry I couldn't stop him. You should run away because he'll come back soon to take you too.
No, I have to save my mom and my dad too.
How? Don't you see what he did to me?
Yeah, I do kind of see that. You are pretty messed up, dude. At least I got a card. Yeah.
I found this at my dad's prison. I think it might help us defeat him.
That's the spell to defeat Mr. Redface. Come on, quickly go into the closet to find where your mom is being held.
I don't like the closet. Last time I tried opening that thing, I saw a scary woman. You saw that too, right, Mr. Doll? Right? Oh, God. Okay, well, good thing it's still the same portal as before. So we're chilling. At least I don't have to try and find the same frequency again. All right. It is so dark. I hear someone crying. I don't want it. Oh, God. Oh, my God. What are you? What are you? Okay. I think they're just looking at the doorway. Is this my mom's prison? Mom? Huh.
Quickly, throw the spell in here and take cover.
Throw the spell? Okay. Take cover where? Behind the car? I'm going behind the car. Hi, kids. This is my cover. This is the best place I could find. Is this really gonna save my mom? Why do I feel like I can't trust this doll? Oh my God. It's Mr. Redface. Mr. Redface. Hey, buddy. Oh God, he just closed the door. Don't you dare torture my mom in there. My mom's done nothing wrong. Jeez. Well, I think my mom might be dead. Well, Mr. Doll, what just happened? You want to tell me what just happened to my mom? Hello? Am I just supposed to go back home? I'm pretty sure I just watched my mom get killed, and you just want me to go back through the portal, huh? All right, fine. Well, I guess I will then. Goodbye. Are my parents back? Hello? What in the world happened to you? You're smoking, bud.
What's happening to you?
My master has been defeated. The magic he cast on me is also fading.
Are you disappearing?
Don't worry, this is what I wanted. You should go outside and see your parents.
What? But no, I want to save you, Mr. Doll. You helped me. You're the only person I can actually trust. I can't even trust my own mama. Oh, I see a figure down the hallway. Mom? Is that you or is that Dad? Or is that both of yous? Can I take my medicine? Still can't. Are you guys normal again? Hi. Hi. Huh.
Dad? Mom? Y'all are free now.
Oh!
You've been having an affair, haven't you?
I told you I was busy with work.
Oh my God.
Liar. You've neglected this family for another man. Aren't you ashamed to lie to your son?
Oh my God.
And what about you? Do you think you're better than me? You're just at home leeching off me all year round. What kind of father are you? No matter what I do, it's my business. I still bring money home to support my child. And if you still think I'm a bad woman, you're lowering yourself even below that.
Oh!
One more word.
Fine, you and I will get a divorce. One of us will have to move out of this house. If you're still here tomorrow, I'll take my son and leave.
You stay right there.
Mom, where are you going? You cheated on Dad? Oh God. Oh God. What? Wait, what? Dad? Mom? Why? Why am I stuck here alone now?
Who in the heck is that?
Who are you? Dad? Dad? No. Don't resort. No, Dad. Don't do that. What are you doing? Oh, God. No, Dad, stop. Dad. Dad. This is crazy. Red face!
I won't let this happen.
What do you mean you won't let this happen? What are you going to do? Where are you going?
Where are you going, bro?
Wait, what? Where am I? Can I take my medicine yet? Nope. Still can't do that. Okay. Dad? Dad? What are you doing? What? What is he doing to me? Dad! What? Yo, what just happened? Was my dad Mr. Redface the whole time, bro?
No, no, no. This cannot be true.
I'm very sorry, Ron.
Oh my goodness, the doll was right. We should have kept him in that prison.
Your closet. I think you're able to open it now.
My dad just walked in there. I'm not trying to open that closet right now. Are you serial, bruh? Oh god. Oh my god. What? What?
This is me? Why don't I know anything about these?
You've always known.
What?
Because I am the knowing part of you. You've tried to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself feel better about you and your dad.
Oh. So the doll was the only one that knew I was being treated badly. He was the only part of me that could understand.
And me, I'll have to find a way to lead you back to the reality. I've tried many times, many ways to help you accept this truth as easily as possible. And every time I fail, guess what happens? Tick, tock, boom. All the memories disappear. You once again wake up at the starting point, which is the night your dad murdered you.
What? So what?
How long have I been dead?
14 days.
It can't have been that long. What really happened to my parents?
As for your dad, he's hiding in a cheap motel room.
Dad? Hello? Who's in my closet? Who's there? Dad? You killed me and you're just hiding? Oh my god. What's going on with my doll? Am I haunting him?
Go home with me, Dad.
What? Oh. I think I've been haunting my dad as his doll the entire time because he killed me. Honestly, that's what he gets. Who murders their own child?
What about my mom? She still sees me, doesn't she?
That's right, because she's only home late at night. But if it's daytime...
What happens when it's daytime? What do you mean? Mom?
Son?
Oh my goodness. So... she runs home every night and checks the closet for me. What happened? Mom? Why are you crying? Oh, I feel so bad for my mom. Oh, man. Yo, this is sad. Mom? I feel like there's someone sitting across the table from you right now and the... Oh, yeah, there is. Who are those people? What?
Do you have any clues about your husband's hiding places?
Oh, no. Yo. Mom, it's gonna be okay. I'm still here in spirit, literally.
You just dropped something, ma'am.
It's the card. Yo.
What is that?
She can revive me with that reboot card. It's my reboot card. Come on.
It's a motel card, but I'm not sure it's mine.
That's where the dad's hiding. Come on, use your brain. Yes. Follow that motel. Go find my dad. Put him in jail or something. You can't just murder your son and get away with it. That's not how this works, unfortunately. Actually, very fortunately. Killer father arrested. We did it. We got my dad arrested for killing me. Yo, wait, what? Is that my body? Was that me inside? Wait, hold on. What's going on? The camera's moving too fast. Oh, there I am. I have a feeling that's not actually me, though. I feel like that's just a ghost version of me, because I'm pretty sure I'm dead. Oh, man. Wait, what? Wait, what? Dad? That wasn't my dad, was it? Okay, I don't know. Now a bunch of these dolls are waving at me. Are these... So does that mean all of these kids are also dead? Oh... Oh, what? Ew, no. And now I'm here for eternity with all the other dead children. Wow. The end. Yo, that just messed with my brain. This is the game you guys wanted me to play, huh? Wow. Not gonna lie, as horrifying as it was, that was actually a really good game. I'm glad I played. And if you want to see more videos like this, then click on the screen here. Please subscribe so we can hit 1 mil on this channel. I'm begging. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Today we played a mushroom tycoon in Fortnite, where basically you have to generate money in a building and it can give you cool stuff like weapons to fight each other. I'm not gonna lie, once we got the weapons, I just started fighting the toast miner. I needed my revenge. Either way, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. All right, it's time to claim my tycoon. That's me.
Hey!
And you got yours over there. If this is just like a Roblox tycoon, I'm guessing we start with a free item right here, the conveyor, right? Oh,
Yeah.
I lagged, but it showed. Okay, mushroom pipe, and the next one's 15 bucks. But I'm starting to make money already. Look at that thing generating in there.
Yeah, I'm bougie right now.
If you hit it with your pickaxe, you gain $1 every single time.
It goes up as you buy more stuff.
Okay, hold on. So let me get a $15 mushroom pipe. That goes all the way up there. And now I'm getting 9 money per second. If you look above my money bar right there on the left side, it shows how much I'm getting per second. And we're already up to 9. Mushroom generator.
Jeez.
That didn't up my money, but I'm not sure what this thing does. Whoa, 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 wait, what? So there's one generator for money and then one generator for mushrooms. I don't know what mushrooms do, though.
Yeah, I'm not too sure yet.
Maybe I should try and grind it out a little bit. I don't really know why I'm grinding mushrooms. There's really nothing you could buy here with it. I might as well just keep adding onto my money farm since that's what I can actually buy stuff with.
Yeah, I'm not too sure what to get next.
Now I'm getting $44 a second. Okay, that's going up quick, yo.
Okay, Mr. Boosh.
Okay, Bougie. Let me get up to $1,000 real quick, and then I can buy a conveyor worker. Yo, what is this going to look? Yo, what is that guy?
Why does he look like that, bro?
Yo, he's got a unibrow and a beard on him.
Oh,
He's a little mushroom worker. Okay, I kind of rock with him though. I like him. Oh wait, and I see I can buy over here a statue for 500 mushrooms, and I already have enough to buy it. What does the statue do? It's a golden mushroom. Really? I just spent mushrooms just to get a dumb statue like that. Okay, maybe it's not dumb. Maybe it'll actually help. And I just bought the walls of this place. That makes it a lot more like a factory now.
my place is crazy, bro.
Now we really get into work over here. Wait, let me go see what Mia's got rolling. Oh, you just got walls.
Yeah, I have walls and a door.
Never mind. I spoke a little too soon. Protecting door. If y'all try and walk through this thing, it'll probably kill you.
Yeah.
But I can turn it off if I just hold G right here. Oh, there we go. Now it's green. You guys can walk in if you want. I better not see the miner come in here with a gun and start shooting me. I have a feeling he's probably gonna do that. Okay, I have $5,000. Let me get the generator level 2. Boom. Okay. Yo, miner, what you doing in here? Yo, he's pickaxing me. How did I know that was gonna happen?
Oh.
Watch it, miner. Watch it. Oh, you're stuck in my base now. If you just stick somebody inside your base and then you turn on the wall, they'll just die as they try and get out.
Dude, my base is OP now.
Well, I had the miner come in and try and kill me, so I'm a little bit behind. So let me grind a little bit. I'll get up there. As long as he can't find his way in through the top, because that would probably be the worst. All right, conveyor. Boom. Mushroom pipe. I've got enough for that too. Wait, can I connect to all these mushroom pipes? I could try to do that real quick. Let me just grind to $5,000 real quick. I'm already getting 150 per second. I've gone up so quickly.
I'm spinning a wheel. I've already unlocked the lucky wheel.
What? How in the world did you spin a wheel?
Well, you gotta unlock everything.
I just unlocked the lumberjack mushroom. He's getting me plus 25 a second. Wait, lumberjack items. Ooh, now he's got stuff to work with. Okay, do your thing. Do your work. There's an AFK dance zone over there. I'm not really sure if that's too worth it yet. It doesn't sound like it's gonna make me money, so I'm just gonna keep grinding this thing out. Okay, we're at 10,000. This should be enough to do something good over here, right? Yes, mushroom pipe. Boom. Anything else over here? Oh, another one. I need 10,000 for it real quick. Give me just 1 second. 10,000 should be easy to get. And yeah, I was right. I'm already there. Perfect. All right, mushroom pipe. Boom. We got a whole ecosystem going on here now. And I can upgrade it for another $5,000. What if I just sit here for like a minute straight and I just let this thing rack up money?
You'd probably get a lot.
Well, I'm just gonna sit here. I don't gotta do anything except hold down my mouse button.
Okay, Boosh.
I'm looking over at your base now. I'm getting jealous. All right, I'm going to upgrade my stuff.
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff.
I can get a conveyor worker for 20,000. Do I want that or the upgrader? Okay, I can get both. Let me just grind up to 20,000. The more workers you have, the way more money you make. I'm already at 319 a second.
Yeah, I have a lot of money.
Heart in the bougie.
17,000, 19, and 20. Yes. All right, conveyor worker. I need you to do some work for me. You look the exact same as the last guy, but I'm hoping you work a little harder. Oh, and I can get another mushroom statue for 5,000 mushrooms. What is the point of that? Why do I want statues in this place?
I don't know exactly.
If it's not making me money, I don't want it. What I really want is this generator level 3, but you need 150K for that. Imagine how much money that probably makes you.
Yeah, Yeah, no, I'm like sitting here waiting. I need that money.
Are you trying to grind for it?
Yeah,
What? There's still so much more stuff to buy here, like a mushroom garden and stuff.
for you.
Wait, you already bought it?
Duh.
No way. How in the world? Wait, catch the bug. What do you mean catch the bug? Wait, I found a new bug. Apparently you can catch bugs around this place, and if you get 20, it gives you something cool. Yo, is the miner trying to get Yo, the miner's trying to get in here. He's trying to shoot me through the wall. Ooh, another bug. Gimme. I got 2 out of 10. So apparently it's not 20. It's actually just 10. I'm gonna find all those. Hey, yo, miner, can you chill over there? Can we please cut it out with the shooting, bruh? I don't even have a weapon to use against you right now. Oh, how are you hitting me? How are you hitting me? I don't get it. I don't get it. Hey, you can't hit me. Look at you. Oh, okay. Okay, it hurts. It hurts. Miner mushroom. Wait, I just bought a miner mushroom. Look, it's you. Toast miner, it's you. Chill. Hey, yo, chill. Miner items. Oh, I don't want to buy the miner more items. Yo, walk through that door. Bruh. All right. You want to play that game?
Ooh, he killed you.
I know exactly how to counter you, miner. Let me get back over to my base. Yeah, try and go inside. I'd like to see you try. It's a red wall. You'll die if you even go in there. Yo, you think I'm going to respawn in there? No! Oh, you can't get me. You can try and reach me, but you won't be able to. Where are you going to shoot me from now? Oh, where are you shooting me from? I don't get it. How do you even see me? Bruh. Okay, you want to play that way, huh? Just wait until I get a weapon. It's going to be all over for you. And he's running back to his base. All right, I should probably start sprinting. I'm pretty sure you get infinite sprint in this game, so I don't know why I wasn't using that the entire time. You still trying to shoot at me over there? How about you work on your own base?
You're gonna end up dying.
No, I won't. Wait, dance to get more money. Okay. Hey, I'm getting plus 120 a second.
You just unlocked that?
All right, I'm pretty sure I'm getting up there. I'm at $242,000, which means I have enough to buy generator level 3. Finally.
Jeez.
And level 4 is 2 million. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Don't tell me you already bought it.
No, I haven't bought it, but I bought that a long time ago.
Wait, what?
I've been at Generator 3.
How are you that far ahead? I don't get it. All right, that's it. It's time for me to grind now. I'm getting all these mushrooms out here.
It's because I sit at the money machine and I hit it.
I can earn metal with these mushrooms. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Wait, how in the world did you get guns? How did the miner kill me?
Open the arena.
The arena? Oh, is that over here? Wait, what? I don't know where the arena is.
Once you unlock the other room, then you should be able to unlock the arena.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, then it's time for me to grind, because I got nothing else to do but sit here and swing my pickaxe at a money generator.
Dude, I know.
Okay, I'm getting bored. I want to go get a gun so I can kill the toast miner. Hold on. Give me another mushroom. Oh, the next metal mushroom costs $300,000. Martin the bougie. Okay, it's fine. At least I can buy some pets. What do these things do? Oh, these are cool. They also give metal. I don't really want those, though. I want the arena over here. This is what I'm looking for. Hey, I got a pistol. What's up now, miner? What's up now? You think you're so tough and strong over there? Well, I got my own self-defense now. So if he tries to pull up on me, it's gonna end badly for him. It just took me a while to find out where it was. You know what I mean? Miner, where are you at?
Oh, gosh.
I have a feeling he... Oh, I see him. Oh, take that. Oh, what's up? Yo, miner, I know that hurted. I'm getting out of here. Goodbye, toast miner. Oh, he's low. Yo, you thought you could pull up on me? Oh, really, Martin? Yeah! I got my get back. Wait, I got $200 for that, too. So it pays to kill in this game, huh?
Please do not kill me, bro.
Okay. Yo, I see the miner over there. Hey, back away. You trying to shoot me? You try to shoot me? That's not gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Where's he at? Oh, nah. I know you're hurting more than me. Come on. He's so low. Wait, you have a shotgun? Oh, nah. Yo, is he healing over there? No, get away. You can't just heal like that. Oh, you're missing. Oh, you're missing. Die. Oh, miner. Yo, how are you healing over there? What? You have a shotgun and an AR and healing? Since when could you buy that from the arena?
Ow!
Why'd I not do any of that? It's okay. I got him low with just my pistol. And I know he's still hiding around here. Oh, what you gonna do now? You can't use your shotgun from that far of a distance, dude. Come on. He's so close to dead. Let me kill you so I can focus on grinding again. Is he shooting me from the other side? Wait, I wonder if I can get on top of here. Oh, I can. Oh, that's sick.
I got a new gun. Let's go.
Really?
Yeah, I got,
Yo, the miner got in. How'd you get in?
machine.
Bruh. All right, that's it. I'm getting better weapons. I've had enough. Dude, miner, get away, bro. You are obsessed. Let me through my own... Why can I not walk through my own base? This is so weird. All right, let me get a new weapon here. Wait, what? 25,000 for a burst SMG? What is that gonna do? Bro, where even are you?
He's hiding in your base.
Oh my goodness. Why are you hiding in my base, dude? You got your own stuff to work for. Bro, get out of here. Oh my goodness. Get over here. How am I missing? Okay, the burst SMG sucks. What else can I get here? A race portal. A new weapon for 150. Wait, I already had the shotgun. Oh, and a pizza party pit. Okay, what?
Huh?
What in the world is going on? This guy's attacking me. Hey, yo. Did you get these little guys that are trying to kill you?
Yeah, make sure you kill them. You get money.
I'm killing them, but do they keep respawning? Oh, I guess they're gone. Dude, can these guys stop spawning?
You have to kill them.
I'm killing all of them, but they just keep coming back. All right, there we go. They're gone now. Thank you.
Wait, why didn't anyone say there was a second floor?
You didn't know that?
No.
Most of these maps have second floors.
Bro, I was sitting on the bottom floor.
Oh, nah.
Come on, man.
That's embarrassing. Okay, parkour portal. Get 1 lucky wheel spin if you complete the parkour. All right, will do. I'll complete the parkour first try. Just you watch. You have to sprint on like all these. Wait, can I make this jump? Yep, I can. But then where do I go from here? What? In the bougie? Do I have to make that long jump? Oh, I do. I didn't even think that would have been possible, to be honest. Oh, I almost... No, bruh, really? Okay, I might have fallen once on the parkour. Nobody saw it, though. Let me get a wheel spin. I want that thing. Where's the end of this parkour? Is it up here? This is like only up. I don't even know if I was supposed to jump over here. Wait, I think this is the right spot. Oh, mantle.
Your buns.
No, I'm not. I'm doing the parkour.
Uh-huh.
See? Look, look, look. Uh-oh, don't fall off. And then all the way up to the top. Let's go. Okay, now we gotta make it all the way over here. Is this the last of it? Yo, did you complete this entire parkour, Mia?
No, I haven't done it yet. I'm on my second floor.
Well, then how in the world did you get a free spin?
I spun the wheel and I ended up getting 2 free spins.
Nah, that's a scam.
You didn't get one?
I didn't even spin the wheel yet.
Oh.
Now I gotta make this jump and then go all the way over here. Jump around. Yo, they got Neo jumped on this parkour.
Huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be really bad for you.
Bro, why?
Wait, okay, I gotta make this a long jump now. Oh, I made it. Wait, and I got a free lucky wheel spin.
Hey!
All right, gimme. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I got a 1.5 money boost for 60 seconds. All right, I'm going to grind out this thing then.
Lucky.
I'm getting that money boost. I'm using the most of it. 60 seconds is not a lot of time, so I got to spend every single second over here. I'm getting plus 150 a second, though, which is not bad. And then another 600 per second. What? Okay, yeah, this is kind of OP. Let's go.
Wait, so you get like 750 a second?
Yeah, right now I am.
Yeah, I get like 2,600.
What?
So...
All right, you just wait until I get my money up. Second floor. Boom. Do I want to buy anything out here? New weapon. 50 strength. Wait. Oh, I got to kill 50 enemies. That makes sense. Okay, well, I could do that. Spawn some enemies for me. Boom. Dead. You're dead. You're dead. And you're dead. Okay. 50 enemies. I'm already at 14, which is not bad. Oh, wait. They disappear if you don't kill them.
Oh, yeah, they do. You gotta stay within the line.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Boom. Do not cross that speed bump, guys. You're gonna disappear. I'm at 22 now. I'm almost halfway there.
Okay, Bosh.
Everybody gets burst SMG. Oh, except you. You don't want to die. Boom. Get away. Ew, these guys got weird tongues. Are they trying to lick me or something? That's weird. Oh, nah. All right. I just need a few more of you to die so I can get this cool upgrade. Please? Please? Thank you. I wonder if they hit me, how much damage they do. What if I just let this guy hit me? Oh, okay. Yeah, they do a lot of damage. Never mind. Chill. Chill out.
They take away your shield really fast.
Okay, I'll be sure to not let them hit me anymore. And wait, I have 56 now on the side of my screen. I got a new weapon for it. Hey, machine SMG. Gimme. Thank you. Oh, yes, sir. This thing's way better than the last one. I'll get the next weapon soon. I want to go to floor 2 and see what we got up here, though. Conveyor for 10,000. Easy. Mushroom pipe. Walls. Oh, yeah, I got 2 floors to my place now.
I've had 2 floors. I'm on my 3rd one.
Wait, what is this? Boosts? Boost number 1. Huh. Money block 1.5 for 30 seconds. Okay, I don't know what a money block does. Arena money. Okay, cool. Now we're bougie. And wait, there's a special ability right here for 50,000 bucks. Okay, let me grind this generator at the top then. Oh, yeah, we're getting way more from generator number 2. I don't know why I wasn't doing this earlier. Hey, yes, sir.
I need to get to floor 3.
I'll be there soon. It costs $200,000 and 100,000 mushrooms. So that's what we need mushrooms for now. They're not just used for statues, I think.
How many mushrooms do you have?
88,000.
I have 756,000.
Okay, what?
Yeah, there's a machine downstairs that you have to hit in order to get more mushrooms per second.
What the bougie? Well, I'll go do that. Although, I'm also going to grind some of this out first. I want to make a lot of money so I could buy this mushroom pipe real quick.
Okay, Bosh.
Actually, I'll go grind some of the mushrooms down here. Do I see the miner? Where the miner at? Okay. You better stay over there at your base. I know you're scared. I make way less money from doing the one on the first floor. Also, why do I hear shooting over there?
You better not be near my base, Miner.
I think he's fighting some arena goblins.
Oh, gosh.
How in the world do I get more metal? There's so much stuff here I could buy with it, but I don't have enough. Oh, it's the mushrooms.
Have to break the mushrooms outside?
Yeah, that makes sense. All right. I want to get this little mushroom pet that gives me plus 3 metal per second. He looks pretty chill. More lumberjack items. Sawyer's items cost 200. I don't need that right now. Let's hit this little mushroom guy. Give me all that metal. Okay, I'm not sure if this one's even that good. What about this guy? Oh, wait, this guy's way better. Wait, what about this guy? And this guy? This one gives plus 30 metal. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna grind this one out then. I'm just gonna get a ton of metal and then go buy everything that's inside the base with it.
I'm on my 3rd conveyor.
Is that on the 3rd floor?
Yeah, Bosh.
What? I need to get my 3rd floor. All right, I'm going to get my money up. Let me just buy this stuff with metal first. Sawyer's items, boom. Miner items cost 300. I'm almost there. Apparently, they reload after a while if you hit them too much. So I have to let this little guy reload now.
Oh, I got a bougie trail.
Really?
Yeah, I'm looking real good.
Well, I'm spinning the wheel right now. Please give me something good. 2 more spins would be nice. Hey, yo, miner, chill over there. What is wrong with you? Oh, nah. Hold on, I'm eating a slice of pizza real quick. All right, just chill out over there. Let me eat a slice of pizza again. All right, now die. Oh, I know that hurt you. I know you're low. You just got the sneak attack on me.
Miner, where you at?
Don't you hide now. Yo, is he grappling away?
I think he left.
He's grappling. Nah, he's terrified. Why are you so scared? Come back here. Where is he going? Oh, nah. Okay. Yo, I just outshot him. Hey, yo.
Oh, yeah!
You see, when you don't get the jump on me, you never want to mess with me. I'm the king.
Are y'all down there fighting?
Maybe.
What's wrong with you?
All right, I'm going to focus on my farm. Don't worry.
I get like 10K per second.
What?
Jeez.
Okay, Booch.
I got a milli mushrooms.
Yo, who's coming back over here? I hear somebody. Oh, it's the miner. Yo, you making me boogie over here? Oh, nah. He's got a boogie bomb and shotguns now.
Oh, I would stay away from him.
Nah, I'm not staying away.
I know you're in my base. I'm not scared of you.
I don't have the right keybind set. Yo, stop camping up in my base. What in the bougie? Oh my goodness, get out of my base, bruh. Where is he? Is he around here? Nah, you boogied yourself. Look at you. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Yeah. That's right, miner. That's why you get out of my base. All right, don't make me set my Fortnite keybinds. I could become a tryhard easily. Mia's over there grinding right now.
Yeah, I have my 4th floor now.
What?
Yeah, dude, I'm so much better than you.
Nah, the miner's trying to kill me right now. Hold on. But he's running away because he's scared. Oh! Did that hurt it, miner?
Ain't no way, bro.
He comes to my base and just dies every time. Oh, nah.
Does he still have the boogie bombs?
I got no idea, to be honest. Although, I'm fighting some of these mobs right here now.
Hey, yo, he's in my base!
Nah.
Oh!
Hey, yo, he's an easy kill. Don't worry, Mia.
He killed me!
Okay, maybe not for you. He's got to go for easier pickings after me.
You little weirdo, bro.
I need to keep grinding this base. I have not been cooking. I've been distracted. Oh, what's up, miner? What's up? Okay, never mind. I died.
Yeah, bro lit me up.
I'm setting my Fortnite keybinds. I'm going tryhard mode. All right, it's full tryhard mode now. I had to put on the real keybinds for Fortnite. Just because we got a little camper up here. Hey, yo. Wait, why am I
Hey,
dancing?
better you than me. Better you
Hey, yo,
than me.
I don't want to be dancing over here. Go ahead, boogie. You're going to boogie yourself now, too. Oh, nah. Bro, you're just going to keep boogieing yourself. I'm going to just stay near you. What up? Boom! Try and get away. I got Fortnite keybinds now. I'm not losing a single fight now. Even if I have worse weapons, it just doesn't matter. This whole tycoon has just turned into a 1v1 now. Oh, nah. He's still fighting over there. Yo, didn't you just respawn?
I am not trying to be in that.
Didn't you just respawn over there? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's hurt. Hey, yo, he's hurt. Oh, wait, I'm reloading. Hold on. Okay, cool. I'm ready. Boom! What's up? Nah. Even with the head start. Sorry, Mia. I just have to cook the miner. He keeps coming to kill me.
Hey, bye by me.
Nah, she's getting ahead because of us. That is not bougie.
I don't want him coming over here, bro.
It's okay. He only goes for me. New weapon for 750k. Wait, I want the new weapon. I want that thing. Let me cook for a little bit. I have enough now. What even is this new weapon? Oh, a scar? I'll take that. Yo, this is goated. And I can kill more mobs with this. Okay, hold on. Let me get up to 200 strength so I can get that weapon too. Why not? Let's do it. This thing's goated. I'm grinding out. These monsters are all dying. To the hands of me. Yo, did I just hear somebody above me? Hey, who's out there?
Oh, probably the miner.
Oh, nah. Miner, what you doing? He's trying to get the jump on me. Oh, there you are. What in the bougie? Oh, he boogied me. Yo, don't run now.
Oh, nah.
Don't run, bruh. He's running. What in the world? What are you doing? Nah, get over here. He's in your base, Mia. He's won. No. You just gotta shoot him.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Oh, I'm hitting him. He's on your bottom floor.
Wait, I'm in my bottom floor.
What? What? He's over here in the middle now? Where did you even come from?
I'm coming!
All right, don't run away now, miner.
I see him.
Oh, I killed him. Don't worry.
Yeah!
Nah, Mia's trying to fight me now.
Wait. I don't have good aim. I don't have good aim. Wait.
You didn't wait for me. You didn't wait for me.
Dude!
Yo, third party. Yo, we got a third party.
Come on, bro. I'm running away.
I gotta clear this guy out. Humble him.
I ran away.
Humble this guy. Yeah. Wait, Mia, chill. Don't kill me. Yo, you trying to kill me?
Bro, my aim is so buns.
Whoa. Oh, no. He's won. Why did this just turn into a big fight now?
I got my first kill!
Oh, let's go. Yo, hold on. The miner's respawning. I'm missing my shotgun shots. What is that shotgun? Is that a tactical shotgun? Not better than my pump, though. Dude, what is that shotgun? Miner, why are you running now? Why are you running?
Yo, I hear footsteps near my base, bro. Go away.
It's not in your base. He went to my base. He has a grappler and some sort of shotgun. I need to grind for that.
Ain't no way.
Hold on. I want that grappler. That thing is sick. Come on, monsters. Yo, Miner, you gonna try and jump on me, huh? I predicted you. I knew you were gonna try and do that. Why don't you just come down here instead of killing me up? Once I get this grappler and a better shotgun, the miner's going down 10 times in a row. I'm gonna make him leave the game.
Oh, nah.
You can't outshoot me from up there. Yo, I'm gonna pickaxe you, bruh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Run along back to your base. There you go. I wish these guys would respawn faster or just give me infinite ammo.
I know. Why don't we get infinite ammo?
I have no idea. But these things take so long to kill.
Yeah, you're telling me, bro. I gave up on that.
It's actually easy to kill them, but since they respawn after so long, you're just stuck here waiting for no reason.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go. I'm at 162. I could make it to 200 pretty easy.
I get like 40K a second, bro.
Well, you know, I would grind, but somebody always comes to my base and just likes killing me, so I was stuck in fights for like half the game.
I know. It's great. I don't have to deal with it.
I wouldn't be so excited yet, Mia. You never know what could happen.
Me and the miner have a secret truce.
That's definitely not true. I'm unlocking more weapons now. Oh, I see the shotgun. Wow, auto shotgun, huh? Okay. I'm just gonna keep grinding these things out. Wait, what if I just use this shotgun against them, though? Come on, keep spawning. Boom. Oh my goodness, this thing is crazy. This thing has like 10 million shots in it. What?
Wait, what gun?
The auto shotgun.
Oh, that sounds goated.
Yeah, it's goated. I'm gonna make it to 500 so quickly with this. Although, I don't want to keep grinding for that. I want to go back upstairs.
Bro, I need more metal. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, I can buy a special right here. Oh, this is where the grappler is. Give me one of those, please. Okay. That's not bad. What about this? Wait, can I get multiples of this? I have to use metal every single time I buy this vending machine?
Yeah.
All right, now I actually have the grappler. Hello, miner. Oh, yo. Whoa. Oh! He's dead.
Hey.
All I needed was the same guns. Oh, nah, yo, he's trying to kill me. Hey, bruh, chill. Oh, yo. Oh! Yo, he couldn't even kill me. Oh, nah. Yo, what in the bougie? What was that?
Ain't no way.
Yo, he's trying to hit me. He can't hit me, though.
Oh, nah, Martin.
All right, I need to go up and get my grappler back. It's time to get my swag back. Here we go. Boom. Wait, hold on. Why do I hear somebody nearby? Huh, maybe I didn't. Maybe a bug flew in my ear.
You might want to get that out.
I don't know. I haven't seen the miner in a while. Although I do see him from across the way. Where are you at? I know you're under me. Where though? Okay, he playing the quiet game.
Ain't no way he's hiding, bro.
Well, yo, where are you? I don't even know where you saw me from. What? Where are you? Oh, nah. Rah! Boom. Oh, gosh. Okay. I couldn't even see where he was at. Oh, I see you up there. Oh, hello, miner. What up? Yo, let me switch to my shotgun. Hey, yo. Okay, I could not switch to my shotgun. That was booty.
I got jump boots.
What is that? Wait, you got jump boots?
Yeah, they're called Spire jump boots.
Nah, hold on. Okay, how did that miss?
Boom! Oh, yes, sir.
He's dead. Now, about the jump boots you were talking about?
Yeah, I got them on my 4th floor. You might be able to buy them.
Oh, that makes sense.
You need 300 metal.
Hold on, I'm killing the miner real quick. Never mind, I'm not killing the miner. I was on 40 health. Yo, go in.
Yo, oh! He has my vehicle.
Bruh, what?
Yeah, it's at his base.
Oh, nah.
Huh. Well, that's not good.
He's running around in there. I'll get it back for you, Mia. Don't worry.
Please.
He's running out. Mia, you see him running that way?
Wait, where is he?
On your hoverboard?
Bro, dude, give it back.
Oh, I know that hurted. I know that hurted. Nah. Mia, he's won.
I'm going. I got my weapon.
I don't think she wants her hoverboard back.
No. I had to grab a weapon. Okay.
He's running away from you right now.
Ooh, give me that bolty, bro.
You got a bolt sniper?
Yeah, huh?
How?
It costs 5 milli, bro.
What?
I'll be bougie and stuff. Okay, where's the miner?
He's camping. This is boring.
I see him. He's on my hoverboard. He's on my hoverboard. Bro.
What? Wait, what? Yo, why is he running over there?
Yeah, you want the bolt?
Oh, sure.
All right. Ow, grab it. He's killing me.
Don't worry, I got it. Okay, wait. I don't know how Fortnite snipers work. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, me either.
I'm not using this thing.
I thought it was good. It was 5 mil.
Just kidding, miner. What's up? Uh-oh. I hurted him. Nah, he keeps boogie bombing. Yo, Mia, help.
I'm shooting him. He's low. He's on the white.
Oh!
Hey, that's right, boy.
I got these as well.
Oh, nice. Wait, the miner's running. Wait, that's actually sick. What in the world?
Yeah, I don't know what they do.
Does it allow you to jump more or something?
I'd assume so. That cost me good money, bro.
All right. Oh, my aim's better than yours. Boom! I don't know how to use these jump boosts. I don't know what they do. Oh, you could try to run away now. You could try to run away. It won't work.
Yeah! It will never work.
Yo, miner, where you at? Just kidding. I know where you're at. I see you over there. Hey, yo, Mia, he's trying to snipe. Yo, he's trying to snipe.
No, I don't want to get sniped.
He won't be able to, though. Whoa. What did those jump boosts just do? Whoa, that was sick. Hold on, wait. I gotta test these out. Hey, chill. I have no idea what those just did. Bruh, what? Okay, hold on. I think I could double jump with this stuff. Let me just kill the miner real quick. Easy. All right, I gotta figure out how to use these things now. Yo, who's hopping up here?
Got another item.
Wait, let me test my boots in peace, bruh.
Question, is the shockwave hammer good?
I haven't even unlocked that. I have no idea.
I want to test it.
Okay, Booge. Get out of my base, boy. Hey, yeah.
Can I try it on you?
Sure. But you need to come to my base.
Okay, I'm here.
Actually, you should try it on the miner.
Okay. Ah, he's shooting me, guys!
What? Yo. Don't worry, I got him. Hey, yo, he's trying to snipe. Nightmare. Boom.
Can I try it?
Headshot.
Yeah, go ahead.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Okay.
Test it.
Miner, watch out!
Yo.
Yeah!
What did that do?
Oh, it is sick, dude.
What? Hold on. I'll get rid of him for you. Don't worry. Easy.
Ow.
Nah, quit running. You can't escape. Nightmare. Anyways, what does that
I'm
thing
gonna
do?
show you. It is so good. Watch this. Yeah!
Okay, wait, that actually is kind of awesome. It doesn't damage me though.
Yeah.
Yo, watch out. Someone's missing their shots over there. Oh, nah. You hiding behind here? What's up? Hey, what's up? Yeah. These jump boots are so buns.
He's coming for you, Cash.
Where? I'm not even at my base.
He is.
Oh, wait. He knows where I am? How do you know where I am? He can see my name tag, can he? Oh, nah. Nah, you just boogie bombed yourself. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that hurts. Yeah. Out of my base. Wait, I have $2 million.
Okay, Boosh.
What in the world? Did I just do this? Oh, I can. Oh, this is sick.
He's in my base, bro.
Nah.
Dude, get out of here, bro. Ah! Cash!
Yo, I can't. What are you asking me for?
Oh!
Whoa, this thing looks cool.
He killed me, bro. He killed me.
Nah.
Dude, he's on my second floor. Dude, I can't get in my base. You gotta get him out.
All right, don't worry. I'm on my way. I'm coming to help.
Okay, he's in there, and I don't know what to do.
Extermination team.
Let me get my doors turned off.
Where is he at?
He's somewhere on one of the floors.
I think he's hiding from me.
Okay, my doors are off.
Oh, never mind. He's over here. I'm Reaper. Oh, don't worry, Mia. I got him. He's easy. Now the base is free.
Oh, thank goodness. Bro was lighting me up.
I gotta test something on you. Hold on. Go to your arena at the bottom.
Okay, I hear him. He's back.
Yo, wait. Let me test something. Chill. Chill, miner. Chill. Truce. All right, I want to test this scythe. Hold on. Oh, that does no damage. Yo, this thing's buns.
No, wait, it does a decent amount.
Oh, wait. You can combo with it. Hey, miner, cut it out, boy. Cut it out. Cut it out. Wait, I just threw him into the wheel spin.
Oh, nah.
That kind of just turned into a whole end fight the entire time. But if you want to watch more videos like this, then click on your screen here. And if you enjoyed, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video, and peace. Today, we played Teardown, but I added some mass destruction mods. I literally downloaded everything I could find, and some of the weapons we installed were super overpowered. We destroyed this entire city with them. Look at this beautiful map, and look at all of these weapons we've added to the game.
Yo, this is a vibe.
Oh, yeah. A lot of these guns as well are going to cause a lot of destruction. So let's just start it off with a shotgun.
So pretty.
All right, let's first get rid of that anime sign down there on your left.
Right here?
Yep.
All right. I don't think the shotgun reaches. Let me get closer. Done. The entire TV's gone now.
Oh, perfect.
We can get rid of all these TVs. Look at this. Boom. But the shotgun doesn't really do as much damage as I would hope, because look, that's all it does.
Yeah. Are you like a giant compared to the city?
I kind of am. Look, I'm like Spider-Man or like King Kong.
Yeah, you're more like a Godzilla or King Kong.
Yeah, true. Okay, what is this? Cast iron, though. I added a bunch of these random mods, so I don't know what some of them do.
Oh.
What y'all know about the cast iron skillet, though?
Oh, I know a lot about it. Boom.
Oh.
Okay, this is cool and all. It's the small pistol that does a lot of destruction, but I don't really know if it does as much damage as I was hoping. Although it is starting a fire, we did need some light in here because it's super dark.
True. That looks bussin'.
A lot of these guns are kind of the same. So let's go to the everything revolver. This is the one I've been waiting for.
Oh, yeah.
If you press tab, there's a bunch of different slugs you can load into this thing. So let's see. Let's try
What does boomerang do?
boomerang. Oh yeah, let's load a couple of those.
Does it come back at you?
Probably does. And then let's also do grenades. Boom. Okay, we got 2 boomerangs in there and then 4 grenades.
Wait, you definitely got to hit the black hole.
Oh yeah, I definitely will. Let me just try these out first. First up, grenade. Boom. Did it blow up? Hello? Was that a dud?
I
Ah.
don't know.
Okay, now it's on boomerang. Wait, I don't think the boomerang came back to me because it hit a wall or something.
Oh, no.
That's the grenade. Okay, that makes a lot more sense.
Well, there it is.
Yep, it kind of damaged me a lot more. But let's just destroy the... Oh, really?
Oh, and you're dead.
What in the world just happened?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Okay, really, bruh? I want to destroy the rest of that building. Where is that? Oh, there it is. It's the one on fire, of course.
Yo, it is smoking.
Okay, we got to use the Zentica on it. Remember this one?
Oh, that one is bussin'.
This gun is so OP. Look at that. Oh, and the tower's falling.
Uh-oh.
The whole thing's kind of on fire. Let's make it tip over, though. Ugh, I don't want to die. Let me just...
Oh, it's collapsing. What in the world?
What? It flipped over the other side.
That is crazy.
Wait, can I climb up it now? Get me up here. Yes.
It's a ramp.
Now I'm on top of the world. And I wanted to get to the top of that one.
Bro is Batman.
All right, watch this. We get the glare and we shoot it at this building. Boom. Oh, that fire is spreading now. My whole game's about to lag to this. Am I about to catch on fire?
You might want to get extinguishing, bro.
Yeah, true. I might have to extinguish this building right here. Extinguisher, I need your help, please. Ah!
It's so bad.
Yeah, do you think I'll even be able to get all this fire?
No.
Is there like a water bullet that you could load in the revolver?
Oh, that's true. Let me look.
And you also got to try the black hole on the revolver, too.
Everything revolver. Okay, black hole is right here. Any water? Time, no. Grab field, magnetic. Oh, water! Yes! Okay, it just took the place of all the black holes, really.
What the Martin?
So first is black hole ammo. Let's just shoot it right up here. Oh, Oh, I can barely even see. Yo, it is so dark. It's just traveling through. You see it?
Holy cow.
Oh, nah.
Hey, yo, wait, let's shoot it at this sign right here.
Booyah.
There we go. Boom. Come on, hit the sign. Hit the sign. Yes. Oh, it went through the building.
And it's gone.
Okay, now let's get the water and let's try and extinguish this thing. Oh, it's like a mini extinguisher.
Whoa.
I guess that's kind of cool. Am I about to shoot a black hole? Oh, yeah, there's another black hole.
Ah, there it is.
It's honestly less cool than I thought, but at least it's picking up cars and stuff.
Yeah, I thought it was going to just devour the whole city. I'm not going to lie.
That's what I thought too. I want to collapse this tower though. So what can I use?
Shotgun. Bah, bah.
Railgun.
Oh.
Ooh, that actually sounds kind of fun.
Load it up.
Boom.
Oh.
Oh, that's like the solar smash kind of beam, you know?
That is sick. Yeah, Mia loves the solar smash beam.
Yeah, super fun.
Oh yeah, it is. I could make a smiley face on this tower if I wanted to, but I won't do that.
Okay.
I want to try out some other weapons.
Okay, bows.
Let's do the nitroglycerin. I think we know how this one works. We're gonna use it on this tower.
It's like a bunch of bombs.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh yeah, you can make an entire tower collapse with this. Here we go. We added multiple layers like this.
That is definitely going to blow up now.
Oh yeah, this whole thing's going down. Okay, now that we placed all of our bombs, let's back up, and then I'm just gonna get a nice little gun, and then boom! Oh yeah.
Oh.
Okay, we honestly need to set some more things on fire so I could see. Where's my Zentica? Oh, there it is. All right, let's just set this building on fire. It'll provide some light for us. Come on, hurry up. Those are some small fires right now.
Those are baby embers.
Oh, I accidentally. Whoa!
Oh!
Oh.
Wait, that was so satisfying.
The bottom of it was glass.
Yes!
Yeah, we got to do that again. Hey, yo.
That made me happy.
That was super satisfying. Is there anything else that's purely glass around here?
Maybe your Bart?
Oh, look at this tower.
That looks like it's got some good foundation, though, so I don't know.
Well, I can get rid of that foundation.
Okay.
Let's get rid of the entire bottom of this thing and see if it collapses like the other one did.
That would be bussin'.
It looks like it's pretty weak so far.
Okay, yeah. It could be just made out of pure glass.
This could be something that cooks.
Let's see.
Okay, ready? Let me back up. I gotta watch this happen from far away.
Let me up.
Okay, I literally can't see anything. Why?
Too dark.
Nah.
There we go. Okay, I got a good position. Now, goodbye. Ah, what? Let me just destroy the bottom.
Unsatisfying compilation.
Yeah, that was so unsatisfying. Oh, there we go. There we go. Woo.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it just needed more momentum.
It happened for a second. Oh, and now it's just gonna collapse onto me.
Is it gonna break? It just broke the road.
Are you serious? You can break the road?
It's denting.
Ah! Get rid of the entire building. That is so destructive. But you know what's even more destructive?
What?
We gotta call in the plane.
Yes!
An airstrike. Inbound. I gotta make sure not to hurt myself. I'm standing next to the burger sign. Okay, plane time. Now let's see. I think I am somewhere over there, right? Or right there. So we're gonna attack this one first. Ah! That gun is kind of buns. We gotta go to some better guns. Let's change the ammo to cluster bombs. Oh yeah. Helicopter pad, you're going down. Cluster bomb. Boom. Okay, it's starting to lag my game. Oh my goodness. How about we just level this entire city with the plane?
Let's do it.
Let's try some napalm. Change ammo. Oh, that's the fire stuff. Look at that. Now we're about to have a ton of lights in this place. Let's try acid instead. Yeah, that sounds better. Acid's going to melt everything. Although it's not doing as much as I'd hoped. Never mind.
It is melting the booty.
Yeah, it's definitely melting. That looks like an evil tower. I'm gonna cluster bomb it. Boom! Entire building's going down. Oh, that's lagging. Oh, I'm lagging. My game is struggling.
And there go the frames.
Oh, yeah. Look at how slow the gun's shooting now. This is just what happens when you add all these mods. Oh, I'm dying. Something is exploding. I don't know what's going on. Don't tell me I died. Oh, I died. Yep. I can't control the plane anymore. That's how you know it's cooked.
Oh, nah.
Bro, we're slowly... Okay, wait. Never mind. I was gonna say we're slowly fading off into existence, but we're chilling now.
Rocket launcher. Boom. Oh yeah. Boom. Boom.
Boom. This one's kind of satisfying. Although I think I would rather use the Zentica. This is like a better rocket launcher. It's like a rapid fire one.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, imagine a full auto rocket launcher.
Exactly. It's like a minigun but with rockets.
True.
All right. Now I'm just going to go in a line like this and I'm just going to use the Zentica. The Zentica is probably the most destructive one if you don't count the plane though.
True. The plane is just like on a different level.
I got to pause like every few seconds so my frames can chill for a second. All right, yo, watch it.
Hey yo, watch your jet. Watch your jet.
Get this building out of here. Disintegrate all of it. And it's gone. Oh my goodness. All right, what about this maze bank looking tower? You too. Goodbye. Oh, that's going to collapse on me. Hey, yo.
Nice.
Ow.
Oh, gosh.
Are you serious right now?
Boy, no way, boy.
Get out of here. You hurt me. Although I am kind of a giant. I forgot I'm like Godzilla. So these buildings don't really do much to me, to be completely fair.
Yeah, it's like a skateboard falling on your head. It'll hurt, but it's not too bad.
We need some more light in this place. How about a lightning gun? That could add some light.
True.
This is kind of like Black Ops Zombies. Piano fall?
What is that?
I don't know, but let's try it right there. Oh, I didn't even see it. It's falling on top. What the Martin?
That's actually kind of funny.
Yeah! I'm gonna spam them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ouch.
Oh.
Okay, bad idea. Let's not use that too much. Let's just clean up our mess that we created. Okay. Apparently this vacuum cleaner is really strong. Look at this. Clean up the pianos. It actually is just disappearing everything. Let's go back to our nitroglycerin. I want to use this on all the buildings. We can connect it to the bottoms of everything and then just shoot one of them. Although if the fire spreads, I'm pretty sure it just blows up automatically.
It'll be like the Tilted Towers glitch back in the day.
Exactly. Tifu did it.
Oh!
Oh. And it's on its last leg.
Oh, gosh.
Goodbye.
Oh, blardy.
Now we rocket launcher it. Rocket launcher isn't really anything crazy compared to these mods that we added, but it's still fun. Now let's just get some pipe bombs. Yep, just go in there, please. Get out of here, building.
It's so destructive.
I know. I want this entire place to be flattened by the time I'm done with it. Get out of here, building. Oh my goodness. Is it gonna blow up?
I like the pipe bombs.
Yeah, I do too. Although they take a while, so I think I'm gonna go back to the Zentica.
The old reliable.
That's true. This is probably just the easiest weapon to use for now, so let's go through the entire city. Move it! I need a pathway.
I like to move it, move it.
I want to be able to walk around here. Nothing in my way, please. This is kind of like an aim trainer, too. Gotta hit everything while it's flying at you.
Yeah, hit your shots. Oh, oh!
Oh, that one was satisfying for a little bit.
It did it for a second there.
Hey, yo, what the Martin? Oh! Oh! Okay, really, bruh? Building, you collapse on me? Oh, this thing's already on fire.
Yeah, you take that bloody butt.
It's already kind of doomed, so let me just put it out of its misery. Okay, I think we're doing a good job flattening everything right now.
True.
I just can't hear anything. My left ear is just like gone. This stuff is so loud. I don't know what I'd expect though. I don't think these guns would be quiet at all.
Yeah, you thought it was gonna be quiet or what?
Yeah, true. Well, you know, the game just portrays it as something really loud, and apparently my headphones can't take it. Is that about to fall on me? Hey, yo. Oh.
Oh my, oh. It would have been awesome if it just collapsed. Just boom.
Yeah, this thing almost landed on me. That's like a sledgehammer, like a battle axe or something.
I think it was a crane.
Ow! Oh, what just hit me in the face?
Oh.
What was that, bro? Okay, look at this. After I clear the rest of these buildings, I'm gonna have a really clear pathway for myself.
True. Uh-oh.
Okay, well, there we go. Now we gotta see how clear this place is. Hey, yo. Oh, yeah. One side of the city is now all destroyed. Look at that.
Okay, Bose.
Okay, Boj. Now look at this tower right here. You see that? Goodbye. Sorry, Mr. Tower. I had to do it, though. It's too much fun destroying things.
Dude, this city is looking like Gotham right now.
Yeah, I know. It is all destroyed.
Where's Batman when you need him?
He's not gonna do anything because I'm the Joker.
Bro is literally the jonkler. Why so serious?
Oh, nah. Okay, that is literally me right now. I'm the Jonkler.
What?
No.
What you say, Mia?
No, that's enough.
Oh my goodness. My frames. Oh, they're starting to go down a little bit. Speaking of frames going down, I say we go back to the attack drone.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's do it, Martin. Oh, whoa.
Oh, wait. I forgot. That's the attack drone. Look at it.
Shoot it down. Shoot it down.
I don't think I can shoot it down. That's mine. Yeah, it just leaves.
Oh.
Okay, airstrike time. Get me in there. Oh my goodness, it's already destroying without me. Let me in.
Incoming airstrike. Where are you? Are you over the ocean?
Oh, okay, there we go. I lost my place for a second. Cluster bomb! Oh, God. Oh, yep, the frames just instantly. Let me get out of plane view for a second.
Holy cow.
Oh, did I do that? Oops. Oh my goodness.
Oh, nah. Who made this mess? Is that one gonna collapse?
Yeah, that one's collapsing. Goodbye, building.
Oh, let's see.
Whew. Wow.
Oh, nice.
That was not as satisfying as I hoped. Let's just lightning the rest of this stuff. Flatten it all out nice and even. What about the magnetizer? Oh, no, I remember that. It's kind of buns. Telekinesis, though? Wait, what?
Whoa.
I could do that the whole time?
You should throw it into a building.
Telekinesis. Boom! Boom! Telekinesis. Yeah. Oh, it kind of works. I need something stronger, though. I can't really get the bridge. Although I can get pieces of this building. Boom. I'm like the Hulk now. It also makes a cool noise. You hear that, like, rumble?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can fly on this thing. I'm doing the plank method from Dusty Trip.
The plank method goes crazy.
I'm trying to shoot myself upwards. Oh! I did it for a second, but it doesn't seem to work as well. All right, that's okay. I guess we'll just C4 this entire place. Yo, why does it make the CSGO noise?
I know. That's what I heard.
Oh, nah. All right. Well, we C4 everything.
Bomb has been planted.
Bomb has been planted.
Mia, what you know about CSGO, huh?
Not much if I'm being honest.
Nah. I feel like you would definitely be a CSGO player.
No, I liked playing Call of Duty.
Oh, Call of Duty.
Yeah.
Boom. Rocket. Wait, that was not the rocket launcher. That was a rocket booster. That was awkward. Cast iron. Boom. Really? So I guess you need to actually detonate the C4.
Light it up.
Yeah.
Boom. Oh, my game froze. Oh, my goodness. Wait, what?
Oh my. Oh.
That was actually so awesome. I kind of want to do that again. But more C4s this time. Let's break the entire game.
Oh yeah, light it up.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm spamming this everywhere. If I could see, that would help a lot, but it's just pitch black for me now. I'm gonna destroy everything in my sight. This is the most C4s I've ever planted. Oh, this is most definitely gonna freeze my game. I'm sorry, guys.
No.
It's gonna break the game, and it's gonna break my ears. Okay, I feel like we definitely did enough. Now let's just get a good vantage point of all this.
All right, let's see the big explosion from far.
I gotta press K. Here we go. Oh, I'm frozen. What just happened?
Oh my, there goes bro's game.
I died. Are you for serious right now, bro? Okay, bruh. Apparently, I saw one last thing as well you could do with the C4. Look at this. Once you place one down, you can change the size of the explosion. So let's do explosion size as much as we can. It looks like it goes up to 4. And now if we detonate it, how big is that explosion?
Watch the whole map just blow up.
Oh my goodness. That does so much more damage.
Okay, that was big.
So now that we have that big explosion size, let's place a bunch more C4s around here and then see if this building just goes down in one,
Bomb has been planted.
which I think it definitely will. Let's go. Explode in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm frozen. Oh,
There goes bro's game.
Nice job.
oh yeah. Wait, that was kind of awesome though. Look at this. Satisfying.
Oh, it's gonna break.
Aww.
Oh, it did it a little bit.
Are you serious, bro?
Barely.
Take it out now.
Barely.
Yes, I will do that.
Whoa, what was that?
Are you talking about this?
Yo.
It's kind of cool. It gives you like elemental gun stuff, but it's kind of buns as well.
Yeah, it is buns compared to the Zentica.
I think we got rid of all of the really tall buildings now.
Except for one, the little crooked one over there is still standing.
Wait, there's one? You're right.
Take it out.
I can't let it stand. Get out of here. Ah! Everything goes down.
No.
Even my game.
That was my city.
And nothing remains. Where is your Batman now, Gotham?
Yeah, this is much better. I love a destroyed city. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
We're about to enter a quarantine zone where some people are healthy, but some people are mutated. And we have to make sure to only let the safe people in. It's day number 1.
You are all aware of the situation. The city is overrun by a zombie virus. And while not everyone has turned into a zombie, we need to try to save them. But at the same time, make sure the infected don't get into the zone. That's your job. Let's hurry to the checkpoint and start examining the survivors.
Okay, so only let in the survivors, do not let in any zombies. We gotta make it all the way to our checkpoint area for our first day at the job. This is where we're working, so that's where the people are gonna come in. I got a couple of friends here working with me too, but I'm actually the one that has to scan them right here. So, all right, let's let the first one in. Next.
The first survivor. Approach him and take a close look. Are there any symptoms that immediately catch your eye?
All right, any symptoms that are weird with this guy?
Just look at how red his head is. You absolutely must record this symptom on the symptom map.
If I get too close, will I get infected? Okay, so he has red skin. We need to go to our map. Here's all the known symptoms and probability of infection. We have to mark exactly what he has. Later on, we'll have tools to detect the hidden ones. Okay, does he have yellow eyes? Doesn't look like it. He does have red skin though. It says that it's not a sign of infection. In most cases, it's just allergies. Does he have pale skin? No. His skin's just red. It's not crazy looking. He does have some scratch marks on his neck, and that looks like skin cuts. So I'm gonna put that down. Once we identify all of the symptoms, we can either put him in quarantine, liquidation, or survivor block. So if we're unclear if they're infected, we gotta put him in quarantine. You're not going to the survivors, buddy. I'm sorry.
This subject only shows one symptom, but it's unclear. Send him to quarantine so we can monitor him for a while.
He could very well be infected, so I'm gonna play it safe, send you to quarantine. All right, next up, let's check this guy's symptoms now. He looks pretty normal. Let's open our tablet. Okay, you have pretty normal looking eyes, pretty normal looking skin, no scratches or anything, no discharges, which is good. I can't check his temperature yet because I don't have the tools. We can play the sounds here to see what a sick virus breath would look like, but it doesn't look like he has any of that, so I'm gonna send you over to the survivor block. You don't have any symptoms, you're good. Go on through. So all the survivors go there, and now we gotta make sure no zombies get in there because they're all gonna get infected. All right.
I was bitten by a dog, not a zombie.
Oh, look at his hand. He said he was bitten by a dog. You also got scratch marks on your face, dude. Any yellow eyes? All right, let's mark this down. So he has a bite mark. Oh, a bite is a confirmed sign of infection. So we're already confirmed. I think he also has skin cuts. Maybe that's just me. But that means we have to send him over to liquidation. So he's gonna get killed because he's infected. I'm sorry. Special processes here. Don't worry about it, okay? You're gonna get taken care of back there. All right, have fun. Oh, God. I feel bad.
That's it for today. Hit the bunks. We've got another long day tomorrow.
All right, only 3 people I had to scan. That's kind of like an easy day. But I did kill an infected. It just showed that at the top of my screen. So we did good. It's only gonna get harder from here. I can't believe I'm sleeping in a container. All right, whatever. So I made 700 bucks. I got a valid elimination and a successful block assignment. Okay, good. Let's continue.
First, check out everyone in quarantine.
Okay, so now we have to go check the people that we put in quarantine. I'm pretty sure it was just one guy. Let's go check up on you. Did you get infected or are you still healthy, huh? If you send people to quarantine, check them the next day. Their infections could have gotten worse. If a survivor was infected and you leave them in quarantine for 2 days, they will turn into a zombie and kill everyone else. Cleansing kills everyone in quarantine. Okay, so he looks like he's tweaking in there. I'm not gonna lie. Let's inspect you, buddy.
He doesn't show that previous symptom anymore, so he can be moved to the block.
That is true. You do not have any symptoms, although you do have freckles down there. Are you hiding something under your clothes, sir? Maybe a bite mark? All right, well, I'm putting freckles down. It's not a sign of infection, but I guess we can send you over to the survivor block. Go on ahead, buddy.
Oh God.
Tools help you spot symptoms faster. Grab the scanner.
Grab the scanner. Is that all the way over here? Uh-huh. A flashlight and a scanner. So now we can scan through their clothes. Oh, this is a little intrusive. We can also use a UV flashlight to detect any other symptoms.
Now, call in the next one and use the new tool on him.
All right, let's go. All right, buddy. Let me check you out. Okay, you look good. I feel like this is very intrusive. Let me check your backside. Okay. Oh, nah. Yo, I'm not trying to look at your butt right now. I'm sorry. What is that? You got a bruise. Hiding that from me, huh? Okay, well, he looks pretty clean, but he does have scratch marks right there. Let's use our UV flashlight. All right. Anything hidden from us? Doesn't look like it. You look clean. All right. So he does have bruises. He does have skin cuts. He's wearing sunglasses, so I can't really see. Take off your sunglasses. Hey, buddy. What are your eyes looking like? You got some marks on your skin, buddy. That's a lot of bruising. He's not bleeding anywhere. So I think you're gonna have to get sent to quarantine just in case. If you're infected, I am not trying to have you infect everyone else. All right, next. Let's go. All right, let's take a look at you. Oh, you got yellow eyes. Oh, you are sick, bro. Oh, you also got bruises. Okay, let's keep track of that. Yellow eyes, bruises. What about the backside of you? Are you sus? Don't you hide anything from me, buddy. UV flashlight. All right, very interesting. I will note this down, sir. Thank you. So you have yellow eyes and you do have bruises. Both of these are not signs of infection, though. It says yellow eyes can just be caused by not clean food and water. So I think he's considered clean. I'm gonna send him to quarantine just in case. I'm sorry, buddy. I don't trust you. I feel like you could totally infect people. I don't like it. All right, next. Oh my goodness. Get away from me.
I bit my lip, that's all. Look, see? It's not serious.
Yo, you got mouth blood? You got that? All right, I'm gonna have to scan you. I'm sorry. Hey, did I see something? I didn't. Okay. The legs look fine. Oh, she got bruises everywhere, bruh. Nah. Yeah, that is nasty. I'm sorry. All right, well, she has mouth blood and she has bruises. I don't think there's anything else. Okay, quarantine zone is filling up quick. We only have one more slot in there. I'm gonna have to start sending people to get killed, unfortunately. Next. All right, look at you. I like the sunglasses. Take them off. All right, you look good. You hiding anything from me, lady? Nah, looks clean. Oh my goodness, what is that? You got black bruising all over your back, girl. Girl, no. What is this? Okay, let's note that down. Red bruise, necrosis. Does she have necrosis? Is that what I'm looking at? Or is that just bruising? I'm gonna check again real quick. Yo, that's literally full black. That's gotta be necrosis, right? It looks like it, so I'm gonna put that down. And I don't really trust her, so I think I'm gonna send you over to liquidation. You definitely have a virus. I'm sorry. Good luck. Don't worry. They're gonna take great care of you. I hope. All right, that's it. No more entries for today. Let's see if I got that right. I feel like I might have... Oh, wait. It said killing an infected. Okay, I knew it. She was infected. Good. Now, can I go home for the day? I can. It's time to rest up and then check on those people that are over in quarantine, because I feel like they might have turned. All right, let's go to sleep. Made 300 bucks. Not bad.
Everyone you've checked and let through is staying in the block. And until the evacuation happens, you need to keep an eye on them. Make sure there's enough food and space. Let's focus on the base today.
Okay, so we need to go to base management and make sure that they're all good. Here you can track the number of survivors and the level of the current buildings. You can also upgrade the buildings and build them new ones. All right, so we got to make sure there's enough places and food for the number of survivors that are in there. If this number is red, then that means there's not enough tents for all the survivors. And if this number is red, there's not enough food, so we got to get it from the warehouse. Got it. Oh my gosh, we have to deal with generators too? We need to bring fuel from the warehouse so that we can actually power these buildings. Okay, we can't have them stop working.
As you can see, there's no food or fuel for today. They need to be brought in from the warehouse. But first, you have to buy these resources. Restock the warehouse.
Okay, so we need to replenish our storage.
Buy supplies and fuel for everyone in the block.
Supplies and fuel, got it. So let's buy some food. Let's get fuel and let's get some med kits. Why not? I'll just get 3 med kits because we only have like 3 people in there.
680 bucks. It's a lot.
Now that the warehouse is loaded with supplies and fuel, you need to deliver them to the block. Head over to the warehouse.
All right, now that we ordered that, let's go to the warehouse. Looks like it's over here. Ah, perfect.
Load the supplies and fuel onto the cart.
All right, let's put that in there, put that in there, and there. Perfect. We also got some med kits that we gotta bring. Thank you. And we got some fuel. All right, perfect. I'm trying to store all of this in one go. I'm a one-trip kind of person, all right? All right, now we can drive the cart back.
Deliver the supplies and fuel to the block.
I'm going to deliver them. We gotta go over to the survivors. Actually keep them alive with these supplies. Oh, that's the wrong way. Oh, this gate opens. Okay, this is where I go.
The supplies need to go to the dining hall, and the fuel to the generator.
All right, fuel goes to the generator. Got you. Let's take this. And okay, we just got to put it in here. This is where all the resources go. All the fuel needs to get in here. Generator needs it. I'm sorry. Boom. And this one. Okay, we got 8 in there. Perfect. Let's go deliver these med kits. And the food. Aha. Dining room. Okay. Here you go, guys. I got your food. I know you all need to survive somehow, so there you go. Oh, gosh. A med kit flew out. Yo. All right, and now the med kits go over here.
Excellent. Everyone's fed today.
Where do the med kits go?
Go get some sleep. We're not checking any new survivors today. There are reports of large zombie clusters in nearby areas, so we need to be ready.
Okay, I don't know where the med kits go, so I'm just gonna keep them in the cart for now. I don't think I needed to buy them just yet. We can go back home. We don't have to scan anyone today, but I do want to go check on them. I'm just gonna leave the cart in the warehouse, just so I always know where it is. Okay. Can I not go check on them in there? What if they're getting infected? All right, whatever. I guess I need to go to sleep before I can do that, so let's do it.
Warning, massive zombie attack.
Wait, what? Massive zombie attack? What do you mean? Hey, drone control. Uh-oh. I knew I should have checked. To protect the base, we need to take control of a combat drone. Oh my goodness. All right, well, let's do it. I'm gonna kill all these zombies. I don't have any of these things, so I'm just gonna have to go bare hands. All right, where's the zombies at? I see you over there. Get out of here. Yo, we're not trying to get infected in here. Oh, that's a lot of different... Okay, hold on. Let me lock in. Yeah. Yo, there's so many zombies. I'm supposed to kill all these guys? Really? No, don't you get in here. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Oh, they're getting close to the doors. There's no way I'm supposed to control all these guys. You cannot be serious. Get away from the walls. Get away from the walls. Ah! Bro, this is impossible. They're gonna make their way in. I don't have the weapons for this. I don't have the weapons. There's too many. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, I can go over here? I didn't realize I can move the drone. Okay, my fault. Wait, this is way easier now. Okay, if I knew I could move the drone, I would have done that a lot quicker. I thought it was just staying still in the moment.
According to our data, survivors have developed new breathing-related symptoms. To check them, use this stethoscope. Pick it up from the table.
Okay, I gotta go check them with a stethoscope. Apparently, I'm Dr. Cash now, so I can check their lungs, and if it shows spots, then the breathing's infected. That's gonna be so hard to see. Okay, I wanna check the people in quarantine. Can I go do that? Oh my goodness. Yo, those zombies just killed that man, that poor innocent man. Oh, I gotta clear you guys out of there. Ew, get out. Clean them, please. I don't want zombies in here. Weirdos. All right, well, we lost a survivor because those two turned into zombies, but now I know how to check it a little better. It wasn't letting me go in before, okay? I'm sorry. All right, come on in. Let's go. Hello, sir. Oh, you got a bloody mouth. Ew. Let me check your lungs. His lungs are pretty spotty. Look at that. I feel like it's hard to see. Let me check you out. Yeah, buddy, you got a bloody mouth. I don't know if I trust that. Does he have an obvious bite mark? Is that supposed to be... I think that's a glitch. Okay, he's coughing. Like, I think that means that his lungs are bad. So this is what bad lungs look like. That's gonna be hard to tell. Okay, bloody mouth and breathing problems. Let's put that down. He's got a cough, and we're gonna send him over to quarantine because it's not an obvious effect. All right, next up. Come on in. All right, take off your glasses, please. Okay, your eyes look fine. You definitely look a little tired, though. Oh, you're coughing. His lungs are spotty. Oh, look at that. That does not look right. His breathing is infected. Oh, nah. All right, let me check you out. Oh, my goodness. You got scratches all over you, dude. This guy's most definitely infected, right? Or am I missing something? All right, well, let me note that down, sir. Wait a second. Take off your hat. Oh, my guy. He has red skin. Look at that. I think that's red skin. I'm just gonna put that down. Red skin. He's got skin cuts everywhere, and he's coughing. Okay, so we put down red skin, skin cuts, or cough. He's probably sick. I'm gonna send him into quarantine as well. Boom. Sorry, dude. I can't have you infecting anyone. All right, next up. Hello, ma'am. Please take off your glasses. Oh, okay. Your eyes look normal. You have freckles. Let me check anything bad on you. Doesn't look like it. Honestly, you look pretty good. I think she's safe. Although I will mark down freckles. That's definitely normal, though. All right, you get to go to survivor's block. Let's go. You're welcome. Have fun with all the other survivors, I hope. Next up. All right, you, sir. Oh, okay. You got freckles. Let me check your body. Are you hiding any sort of... Oh,
scratches. Yo, he's got scratches all over his belly. Okay. Back. You also got scratches all over your back. Huh. Very interesting, sir. I think I'm gonna put you in quarantine. Those scratches are freaking me out. So let's put down freckles and skin cuts. You're going into quarantine, bud. Sorry. And looks like that's all the people. Checkpoint is clear. Let me make sure everything is good on stock. Okay. We're looking at green numbers here. This is good. I don't need to buy any food because we only have a few people. If I want to spend my money, I could upgrade to a better gun and some soldiers. I don't need to do that. Honestly, the drone was enough. Let's just go back and sleep. And then in the morning, I'm gonna check to make sure nobody got infected. So good night. I lost 700 bucks because I bought a bunch of stuff. It's fine. We'll make it back.
Today's the evacuation day, and you'll get a reward for the first batch of survivors. Survivors have developed new symptoms related to their pulse and temperature. To check them, use the thermal pulsometer. Pick it up from the table.
Okay, so now is when I check their heart rate. Got it. Wait, I kind of want to go check on the quarantine zone. Hey.
Identification verified. Quarantine status stable. No incidents reported.
No incidents have been reported. All these people have spent 1 day in quarantine. All right, let me inspect you first. Your lungs look very cloudy, sir. Yeah, I still don't know if I want to let you in. Sorry, dude. You got all those scratches on you and stuff. I think I'm gonna send you back to quarantine. Sorry, buddy. This guy's got a crazy build. He looks like he's like freaking out. And this guy over here is just kind of calm. I'm gonna leave you guys in there for another day because I'm not sure if I should let them in or not. Let me just scan the rest of these people. Come on. So if they're not infected, it should show both greens here. If they're infected, it shows orange here. Got it.
The survivor has some luggage. We allowed them to bring their own stuff. But now, you need to carefully inspect the luggage for weapons. Or worse, zombie body parts.
Oh, I gotta inspect their baggage now. All right, if we see ordinary items, then it's fine. If we see contraband, we must confiscate it, and we'll make money if we do that. All right, don't forget to check them with a UV light, because it could show signs of infection. So if it glows green, not good. Also, if they try and bring in zombie parts, then we kill them immediately, basically. All right, let me check your luggage first, ma'am. Oh, you're bringing zombie body parts. Oh, I'm confiscating all this. Confiscate, confiscate. Wait, wrong item confiscated. I can't just take all of it? Can I confiscate the body parts? Okay, so that's what I confiscate, just the bad stuff. All right, well, I already know you're infected because you brought zombie parts with you, but either way, I'm gonna still check you. Take off your glasses. You probably got a bite mark somewhere on you, don't you? Nah, doesn't look like it. Okay. Well, I'm sorry, ma'am, but you're being sent over to liquidation. You're getting killed. All right, I'm sorry. You can't bring zombie parts in here. If you get in contact with them, you're dead. All right, next. You got a backpack? Oh my goodness. Yo, what is she doing? Yeesh. Was she coughing earlier? Take off your stuff. She's burning up. Okay, wait, let's check her temperature. Temperature and pulse. Oh, elevated. Oh my goodness, you're infected. Okay, let me check your backpack. Open up. She just got a bunch of apples and stuff. Okay, that's fine. You can keep that stuff, but you have infected breathing. Okay, let me scan you. You got any scratches or bite marks on you? Doesn't look like it. Elevated pulse and elevated temp. You got both of those. Those are bad indicators, lady, but you're lucky because you have no other symptoms. And you didn't bring anything weird. So, since I'm not entirely sure, I'm gonna send you to quarantine. All right, good luck in there. Oh, she's definitely gonna get killed. All right, next up, let's go. Hello. Oh, you got mouth blood. Nah. All right, let me check your body. Oh, what is this? You got necrosis. Oh, no. I'm pretty sure necrosis is like a telltale sign. Wait, what was that? You got chickenpox? Okay, you have skin rash. You have necrosis. You have mouth blood, and you're coughing. Did you have a backpack? No, you didn't. Okay, well, based off of all of these, I definitely think you're a zombie, so I'm gonna send you over to get killed. I'm sorry. Oh, I feel bad. Was I right at least? Please? Okay. Killing an infected. Boom. 900 bucks. Easy. Next up. All right, lady. Take off your sunglasses, please. You look healthy. Let me check your temperatures. Normal. Breathing. I think that's normal lungs. It's kind of hard to tell, to be honest. And you don't have any marks. Yep, no marks at all. All right, honestly, you look safe to me. I'm gonna send you over to Survivor Block. Go ahead. Good luck in there. Now, I want to check quarantine one more time. Any zombies in here? Okay, we still haven't had any incidents in here. This guy's still freaking me out because of his mouth blood.
As I said this morning, today's evacuation. Head to the block to assign survivors for evacuation.
Okay, we gotta go assign people for evacuation. Sorry, guys, it's evacuation day. It's not my choice. We have to distribute all the survivors so that they can go home in trucks, and they may or may not return. All right, well, let's start our evacuation. Evacuation complete. Success. Okay, dubs. Okay, so I'm gonna sort it by healthiest people and the sus people. Only females are allowed in the red truck. Anyone can go in the blue, though. Okay, well, these two are the only females. You had no symptoms, so you can go in the red truck. You're fine to go. What about you? You had no symptoms either. All right, you can also go into the red truck. You, however, are not allowed in the red truck because you're not a female, so you have to go in the blue truck, and I'm sorry, you're gonna go in there with Carl Rogers, who had a bunch of symptoms. So you might die. Oh, wait, I can't even put him in any truck. I could only evacuate 3 people. All right, so sorry, Carl Rogers. You're gonna get out of here. Okay, now I think it's time to upgrade our our defenses. Let's go over here to upgrades, and I think I want to get a better gun. So 500 bucks, we're spending it on that. We can also get soldiers. 750, let's do it. Should I upgrade bombs and stuff? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna buy some bombs, and we're gonna save our money. That's it. That's all I'm buying. Time to go to bed for the day. We made $3,000. Wow, look at me. I'm cooking. Okay, do I want to purchase any of this? I'll buy some bombs. Why not? It's time to defend now. Where are the zombies at? We gotta defend any zombies that try and get to the truck. Yo, why am I being turned right now? This is gonna make it a lot harder. Oh my goodness. The zombies are down there. Yo, get away from the trucks. Away from the trucks. Okay, got him. Oh gosh, there's a lot more zombies. Yo, I gotta get them all away. Do not get near my survivors, please, zombies. Eee! Oh my goodness. Why are there so many zombies around here? Yo, is there a better weapon I can use? No, they're trying to attack. Get away. Oh, jeez. Okay, most of the zombies are missing them, which is good. I don't think any are getting in, right? Or at least I hope. What is that? That truck needs to fix? Are you serious? You can't fix right now. The zombies are trying to get in. Oh my god. No, don't you get in the truck. Yeah. Back away. Oh, there's a zombie back there. I see you. Okay, apparently we won. I don't really know what the point of that was, but the zombies were trying to attack.
New symptoms have appeared, and one of them is aggression. So they might attack you. Grab the pistol from the table. Also, get the syringe analyzer. Our scientists built it, and it accurately detects infection. But it's very expensive, and there aren't many. So use it wisely.
Okay, so now apparently they can attack us. So I gotta get the gun ready. And this thing tells you exactly if they're infected or not. It wants me to start the inspection, but first I want to go check on quarantine. Oh.
Identification verified. Quarantine status unstable. Incident detected.
Dude, I can't believe it. Can I go in there and kill you myself? You dumb zombie. You killed all my survivors. All right, whatever. You're getting cleansed. I kept him in there for 2 days. That's honestly my fault. Whatever. Okay. It's a new day. We'll figure it out now. All right, bring the first person in. I'm keeping my gun on me just in case. If you try to attack me, I was bitten by a dog. Okay. Take off your glasses, bud. I swear, if you try to attack me while I'm scanning you, all right, your breathing looks fine. Yeah, no, that does not look good. You got black bruises all over you, dude. Is it just the bruising though? Or do you have anything else? You look fine. Let me check your breathing. Normal. For some reason, I don't trust you, but the only symptom you have is the bruising. I can't tell if that's necrosis or not. I think it is necrosis. I'm just gonna say it's that, and I'm sorry, dude. I'm sending you over to liquidation. Get out of here. Goodbye. I don't like those bruises. You look infected. I'm sorry. All right, let me keep my gun out just in case. Are you gonna attack me? Are you a zombie? Okay, it said I killed infected. That was good. Please, if you find something, lie. I can't go back. What is in your backpack? You are not allowed to have this stuff. Confiscate? Is this contraband? Can I take it? It was golden. Do I take the wrench? Okay, no, I don't take the wrench. Sorry, I'm learning. All right, let me scan you. Your pulse and your temperature look fine. Do you have any bruising? No bruising or scratches. Okay. Okay, well, honestly, you look fine to me. You just got freckles. And you did have contraband, but that's not really bad because it wasn't zombie items. So I'm just gonna mark down freckles. You had pretty normal everything. No sounds, and you did have a weapon on you. So I have to mark that, but that's fine. All right, honestly, I think she's chill. I'm gonna send her over to survivor's block. Go ahead. You look fine to me. Nobody in quarantine. So we gotta start sending some people over. Next. Hey, bro. You gonna attack me? What's up? I got a gun. Oh my goodness. Your eyes. Yo, this guy's most definitely infected. All right, let me check your breathing. Your pulse and your temperature are normal. Your lungs look pretty healthy, but your eyes are extremely yellow, dude. And you got bruising all over yourself. But bruising is fine as long as it's not necrosis. Sorry, I'm checking your butt. My fault. All right, well, you're coughing. You got bruises all over yourself, and you have yellow eyes. I don't think it's conjunctivitis. Doesn't look like it. It's just yellow. It's not red. So just in case, I'm gonna send you over to quarantine. If you get better, then you're allowed in. Okay, bud? All right, next person. All right, you gonna try and attack me or something? What's up? All right, let me take off your glasses. Your face looks normal. Let's see what's in your backpack. Yo, you cannot have weapons in here, buddy. Give me that. Oh, yeah. All right, you can keep the ketchup and mustard. I don't really care. That's a little weird. Let me check your breathing. Okay, you're green there. You're not hiding any marks anywhere. Okay, honestly, you look pretty healthy. So there's like literally not a single symptom you have, dude. I keep forgetting I need to check with the UV too, because stuff could be hiding from me, but I think we're good. You have no symptoms. You did have contraband, so I'm just gonna let you in. All right, have fun at survivor's block. Okay, next person. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna keep my gun out just in case. Now, what's in your backpack? I don't think you can have alcohol, but I'm gonna leave it in because I feel like it's gonna punish me. All right, you got mouth blood, lady. Take off your glasses. Let me check. You're green. Okay, that's good. You hiding any marks, perhaps? Any marks that I should know about? Doesn't look like it. Okay, but you are coughing and you do have mouth blood. I'm sorry, lady. Coughing and mouth blood means you have to go all the way to quarantine just because I'm not sure about you. You could be infected. You could not be. All right, now we got this kid last. I feel like this person's most definitely gonna attack me. Let me bring out the gun. All right, well, you're not a kid. You're an old lady. Let me check you. Pulse and temperature is normal. Your lungs look fine, and you're not hiding anything from me, right? No bites. Doesn't look like it. All right, well, you look safe to me, honestly. Yeah, you know what? You're not a zombie. You can can go to survivor block. Go ahead. Have fun in there. Wait, can I scan the soldiers? No, I can't. All right, fine. All right, time to check on our quarantine. It's just you two in here, huh? Well, I'm going to bed. I'll check on those quarantine people tomorrow. Wait, not enough resources? Okay, let me order some resources. Oops. We need food and we need fuel. We need food, so let's get 5 of those. And how much fuel we got? We got 2 left. I'm just gonna buy a couple more of those just in case. Replenish. All right, they're gonna arrive in the warehouse, so I need to get all this food and deliver it before I go to bed. And then fuel as well. Hold up. I gotta feed everyone. Ouch. Man, these doors are really annoying. All right, let's make this quick. Fuel, you go in there. Fuel, you go in there. Okay, and then food all goes in here. I gotta make sure these people actually survive. Perfect. And we're done. Now I can put you back in storage. There you go. And I can go to bed. Good night. Yo, pass infected. Oh no, she was infected and I let her through. That is not good. Well, she's gonna infect all my people in there if I don't do something, right? Oh god. Should I go over and check on them? I'm gonna keep my gun out just in case. Maybe I can go kill that infected person. Where's she at, huh? Where's the infected one? I know she's around here somewhere. Hello? I'll check you guys in a second. I gotta check on quarantine. I'm gonna inspect you one more time. I can't keep you in for 2 days if you're infected, dude. I'm sorry. Yeah, your bruising has just gotten worse, dude. I think you have necrosis. And you're coughing. Listen, I'm gonna take a safe bet and kill you. I'm sorry in advance. I just don't think if I could take that. All right. Sorry, buddy. You're going into liquidation. I kind of feel bad, but I feel like he's infected. All right, what about you? Oh, she's still coughing. All right, let me check your bag. Your bag is still good. Killing an uninfected? Okay, that guy was uninfected. You know what? I'm gonna send you back into quarantine because I can't kill any more uninfected people. That's just bad. I lose a lot of money by doing that. All right, let's call in the new batch of people. Come on in. All right, you gonna attack me? I just gotta be sure. All right, your eyes are super red. Your pulse and your temperature look fine. Your lungs look, I think that's fine. I don't really know. But you got really red eyes, lady. And your skin looks very pale. Oh my goodness. You got a lot of stuff going on. I must check you very closely. I'm sorry. Okay, so she has red eyes, right? Like those are red eyes, or is that just conjunctivitis? Maybe I should just be safe and say that's conjunctivitis. I don't know. But she also has skin rash, and I think herpes. Is that what I saw on her? No, that just looks like skin rash. Okay, she could most definitely not be infected, so I think I just need to send her in. Yeah, I'm just not too sure about you. You're going into quarantine. If you show better signs, I'll send you in. Next. Oh my god. This guy looks crazy. I got my gun out. You watch it, bud. All right, well, you got mouth blood. Oh man, you got heavy bruising. Let me check the backside. Oh wow, you got a lot of bruising. Okay, well, bruising and mouth blood. It seems that the bruising is fine, but the mouth blood is a little sketchy. I'm gonna send you over to quarantine, bud. I don't trust you. I do not. Next. Oh, you got a backpack. All right, well, time to check it out. All right, what you got in there? Oh, it's you again. I remember you. Okay, well, you look fine. You got mouth blood though. Your pulse and your temperature look fine, but you are coughing a lot. Oh, your lungs got spots in them. Nah, you're infected. Okay, mouth blood, coughing. Wait, I just realized I can listen to their breathing with a stethoscope. I'm so dumb. You guys hear that? Listen. Okay, that's what her breathing sounds like. Let's listen to a sick breath. Yeah, she's got sick breath. I can't believe I wasn't doing that before. Oh, man. Okay, well, that seems to be everything. She definitely is sick. I'm gonna send her into quarantine. I need to start checking a little closer. All right, next. Come on in. Let's go. Oh, what is wrong with your skin, dude? Oh, my God. Okay, well, you got full-on red eyes. Your skin's all messed up. Let me hear you breathing. Okay, you are definitely sick, and you're gonna have a bite mark, aren't you? You are so obviously infected, dude. Wow, his skin is actually clear somehow. All right, what's in your backpack? Cheese, coffee, and a baguette. Awesome. Okay, pale skin, red eyes, which I'm pretty sure is already a sign of infection, and nothing else. Yeah, guys, his eyes are fully red. I'm sorry, but I'm sending you over to liquidation. Get out of here. No. All right, you're gonna get killed. We'll see if I'm right about that one. Anyone in here going crazy? Oh, yo, you're trying to attack me? Bruh, where did you just come from? Really, dude? Wow, I was going to check on the infected people. I didn't realize they were gonna come and attack me right there. Yo, this guy's got green skin. Hey, buddy. Your skin's all green. I'm pretty sure that's a telltale sign. Yep, green skin, you're infected. Get on over to liquidation. No. You gonna try and attack me? Oh, you're gonna try and attack me. Nice try, bud. I learned from the last time. Okay, how about you? Let me open up your backpack. Uh-oh, no sword. You can keep the rest. Take off the glasses. Let me see. Your pulse is normal. Let me listen to your breathing, because apparently I need to do that. Okay, she has sick breath for sure. Any cuts anywhere? I really don't want to take the chance with you because you have sick breath, but nothing else is wrong with you. You look normal. And I don't really have any slots in quarantine anymore, so I'm gonna send you to survivors. This is kind of a risk because you're sick, but I really hope it's fine. And that's everyone. Since I didn't check everyone's breathing, I'm just gonna go check them all. Let me check your breathing, sir. Okay, you have bruises, mouth blood, and sick breath. I'm gonna add that to your symptoms. I'm trying to see if anybody has the virus breath. I'm gonna send this guy back into quarantine. Let's choose this lady. Yeah, no, your skin's all pale and stuff. You got sick breath too. Is that green skin or is it just pale skin? I think it's just pale. Yeesh, I have a feeling you're gonna kill everybody. I'm sorry. Look at the amount of symptoms she has, and you don't seem to be getting better at all. I guess we'll see if I'm right. I'm gonna send her over to liquidation, and we're gonna kill her because I believe she's infected. How about you? Let me check your breathing. I remember you. All right, you can go back to quarantine. Oh, she was uninfected. I killed an uninfected. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, look at this lady's arms. Wait a second. Yo, your infection got so much worse, lady. Oh wow, you are so infected. Thank goodness I checked you. She literally has black spots in there. Ew. All right, let's mark Mark down the necrosis and let's send her over to liquidation. You're getting killed. I'm sorry, you're a zombie. There's nothing really I could do. All right, good luck in there. I'm gonna go to bed for the day. She was infected, yes. Now I can sleep good. Oh, I gotta buy more food. I'm gonna go to sleep anyways.
That girl was infected. What?
Well, I lost $100. It's fine. That's all the time I have for this video. If you guys want to see me continue it, let's go for 10,000 likes. Click another video on your screen here and don't forget to subscribe so we can hit a mil. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Today we played Among Us, but we added a vampire role. Basically, the imposter can turn into a vampire whenever they want, and they can turn off the lights literally all the time. It was super annoying. We're back, and we've added the vampire role, so whoever's the imposter gets some special abilities. And I got crewmate. I didn't even get the vampire. So that means there is a vampire somewhere here, but there's also a couple other roles. There's a jester, and their goal is to just get voted out no matter what. So they pretty much have to act like the imposter, even though they're not. And then there's a couple others. I think I kind of forgot, but we'll figure it out in a second. I'm just looking for who the actual imposter is. Why are the lights going out? Hey, yo, what's going on? What's going on? I just saw Nico, the miner, and I think Mia over there.
What happened here? Mia? Is there any dead bodies?
No, okay. Miner's here. The lights are off. I literally cannot see anything, bro. Are you kidding me? I have to go fix the lights real quick. Okay, VMT fixed the lights. I don't know what's going on with them, but I think the vampire is messing with them. That's their ability. It's super annoying. Very hard to do. All right, boom. Uh-oh.
What in the world was that, Zoe?
Zoe?
What did I do?
Zoe said vampire, and then she turned into Zoe.
Are you 100% sure?
Yes, I know what I saw.
Oh, no.
Yo, I think the game's glitched.
Oh, gosh.
I don't know if I believe that.
Zoe is not defending herself. We have to vote her out.
Yeah, insta-lock.
Goodbye, Zoe.
I don't know what happened there.
I didn't know what I was.
VMT, you gotta vote Zoe.
I was sure if I didn't know how to snipe her, it wasn't working.
I skipped Mia. It's okay.
Was it you?
Yeah. What was that?
Well, that was a quick round.
Gosh.
How did I know that was gonna happen, bro? Makes me so mad, bro.
It's time for the next round.
Please give me vampire. Ah, I did not get the vampire. That means somebody on this world is the vampire. And I haven't gotten any of the roles yet. Are you serious right now, bro? All right, let's go. We speedrun these tasks. I usually always go to reactor first because this is the most annoying one to get done first. So let me just run here and get that done before anybody kills me. And if anyone's in reactor before me, I know they're venting. Hello? Okay, no one's in here just yet. That's good. Boom. We do that. We will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's done. Okay. I'm gonna go over here and then do the rocks. Easy. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm getting quick at that. And then I have nothing else over here. Okay, VMT, Nico, and Peanut are all there. I'm just gonna keep that at the top of my head. VMT, Nico, Peanut. Now it's just Nico and VMT down there. We have to go fix O2, so I'm gonna go do it here with the Peanut. I gotta go check reactor. 06493. Boom. That's fixed. I'm gonna go to reactor and check that Nico and VMT are still alive. Uh-oh. Lights are going out. Okay, they're both still alive. That's good. That's all I needed to know. I'm gonna go over here and do this task right here. Boom. The lights are out, so we need to go fix that like immediately before I do medbay, but okay.
Vard?
Oh no.
Where was it?
It was in the corridor. Like, you know, the one that closes?
Yo, Cash.
Word.
Yo, brother, you was just in there.
I was in medbay.
Nah, it's Cash, bro.
Word. I don't know why he's sussing me. That's weird.
I was with Cash and the Peanut, and then Shady, Zoe, and the Miner were together. Nico, you're the only one left.
Is there a lawyer in this, bro?
No, there's no lawyer.
Peanut, I looked you dead in the face, Peanut.
Peanuts decided to see me, huh?
Wait, how did you see? Because it was dark.
So, Cash, you didn't go in the corridor?
No, I left that area and I went into medbay. I also have medbay, but there's no visual tasks on, so you guys can't see it.
I have a feeling it's Nico, but I don't know.
I felt like he was confused when he reported the body.
Keep in mind, there's a jester.
True, that is true. You could be acting sus on purpose.
Don't be calling me out with my jester vibes.
Yo, who voted me, bro?
It was you. It's Shady's the jester.
We want these hands, bro.
I feel like it is Shady as the jester. He's trying to get himself voted out. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get my task done here while I'm at it. Why not? Okay, do that. I'm gonna go down here and do the balcony task real quick. Hold on. Come on, hurry up, hurry up.
I want to figure out who is the imposter.
And also who's the jester. Okay, that's done. Good. And then I'm gonna grab this watering can before... Wait, hold on. I gotta do this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's done. Now we will all go as a group, right? Nico and Mia are here. I know they're safe. Nico and Mia are going up top. Everyone else is following me down here. Okay, it's Nico and Mia up top. I know that. I'm doing the medbay scan. Hold on. Give me a second. Wait. Okay, let's go. It looks like the Peanut's safe too. He did the shimmy pretty perfectly. Uh-oh.
We gotta go. We gotta go. We must run.
Why did Nico run away from it? I don't know. Uh-oh. Come on, Peanut, help me out. Oh, wait, Miner's already on that one. Uh-oh, the lights are going out. Lights are going out. You gotta fix it, Peanut. What? Oh, okay.
No.
No.
Yo, why were you chasing me, Shady?
What?
Where is it?
It's in the same area that VMT died at.
The chamber?
The chamber, or what Nico called it, corridor.
The corridor.
Wait. Could be the peanut, because he kind of came after me into reactor.
Wait, so who went up there on the top left?
I don't think it is actually, because I saw him do the shimmy onto medbay, and it looks pretty perfect.
I was doing watering can, and I got my water can, and I was up there on the top right.
What'd y'all think of my shimmy, though?
I didn't watch you. I don't think it's the miner. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't think it's the miner, because he was already at reactor.
So, what's it called? Who was that reactor?
Wait, Peanut didn't have medbay?
Word.
No way he did that perfect shimmy. He's got to be the jester or something.
I still think it's shady, bro. I still think it's him.
You think I'm the jester?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think it's either Shady or the Peanut is the jester. But then who's the imposter?
I was sus of Cash, and then bro looked like he did a perfect shimmy on medbay, too.
I did see you, though.
I was being chased by Shady, bro. I was scared.
Dude, I wasn't chasing anybody.
You were running down a hallway. You turned when you saw me. Chased me. The lights went out.
No, chasing is crazy. I was literally right next to you, bro. I ran up to you and started running right next to you, bro.
Miner's awfully quiet.
Wait, why are we voting Shady?
What is going on?
Wait, what? Someone was the mayor and they voted Shady.
Guys, keep in mind, there's a jester.
Oh no. Okay, that was almost really bad. I skipped that. Whoever the mayor is just voted Shady immediately. I don't know how they had so many votes. 87787. Boom. I'm just trying to do my task here, man. That's it. That's literally all I'm trying to do here. I don't care if you're the imposter. Just don't kill me. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I am so gonna die. Peanut, don't kill me. Oh, we're good. Okay, Peanut's at the top. I'm gonna keep that in mind. I'm just gonna watch around. This should be my last task, so I think I'm chilling. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's go up, Peanut. We go together. Any dead bodies? No, everyone's here. Oh, this is good. Oh, and I do have one task, I think. No, it's an office. Okay, well, I gotta go then. I cannot see. Did I just walk through the door? What in the world just happened there? No. No. What? 2 people are dead.
Wait, huh?
Wait, what?
How?
Where was it, Miner? Oh my goodness. Well, I know it's not the Peanut.
I think it's the miner.
Where is it, Miner?
What is the miner saying?
Okay, so it's Cash? Okay, what?
Wait, Cash, where were you?
It's reactor. It's Cash. Me and the Peanut are literally in reactor together. The Peanut knows I did not kill in there.
I went through the corridor, and then I went down to finish lights, so I wasn't in wherever it was.
I'm being marinated. I think it's definitely the Miner.
So what do you want to do here?
We should not vote on 4. Let's just stay together.
Yeah, I'm done.
But if he's blaming me, I think it's most definitely the Miner. Okay, why? Who voted me? Wait, he's the mayor, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Interesting. So that means it has to be Nico. Wait a second. If the Miner's the mayor, then Nico has to be the imposter. Unless it's somehow the Peanut and I just don't know. I could be twipping. All right, Miner. Did you kill the Peanut? Yeah, wait a second. If the Miner's the mayor and I know the Peanut's not sus, then it has to be Nico.
How? Okay, wait, what's your accusation? Why am I the vampire?
Because the Miner voted me and it gave me 2 votes. So that means the Miner's the mayor.
Okay, I'm gonna be real. I low-key voted you.
Now you're lying now.
What do you mean?
You definitely skipped that last round.
Whatever, bro. Dude, I don't know.
Wait, maybe not.
It's either Cash or the Peanut.
Peanut voted me. Okay, they're saying it's you. I'm sorry, Nico. I just gotta go with them.
Okay. Well, it's whatever.
Where was it you?
I can't say.
Oh, you cannot say. Yeah, it was you.
Shady, why did you kill me?
Hey, listen to me, bro. Nico came upstairs and it was like, vampire. And I was like, yo, what? So I walked up to him and clicked kill, and it killed Mia, and then he killed me.
I knew the Peanut was the jester.
Bruh.
All right, new round. Let's run it. And I got the imposter, finally. That means I'm the vampire. Oh, thank goodness. I have to kill from the shadows. So I have to figure out exactly what this does. So there's lights that I could turn out, and there's other things as well. I'm gonna go over this way, and then I'm gonna go into decontamination, actually. All right, let's go in here. And I could sabotage a lot of things. First off, I think I'm gonna turn out the lights. Boom, we'll do that. Now lights are out.
And wait, I can transform.
Oh, wait, there's a little miner right here. I'm just gonna make the miner not sus of me. I'm gonna go over here, and then let's do sabotage on something else. I can close all the doors. Now, let me go down here, and then can I click this?
Oh, interesting.
Okay. Well, now I'm a vampire. I'm not really sure what that does. How do I get out of this? I need to kill him. Oh, the Avenger's coming for me? Oh, I need to sabotage immediately. Let's do reactor. Run! I'm going to do reactor. I'm going. Or at least I'm pretending like I am. Okay, Peanut's right there. I'm not really worried about it. Zoe's over here. Okay. Who else can I kill? Maybe I will kill Zoe. Who knows? Uh-oh.
No.
They vented away.
Why didn't you report that? Why didn't you report that?
I was looking around the corners to see if they were still around the corner or something.
Okay, it was a bit ago. I do know that.
Yeah, it was definitely probably during the reactor. And I saw the Peanut on the left side, and I think Zoe was on the right.
Wait, Zoe, how do you know it was a bit ago?
No reason.
I knew you were the imposter!
Wait, what?
No, I'm not the imposter. I'm not the imposter. But I know something.
Oh.
What do you know?
She's gotta be lovers with them or something.
I must stop talking now.
She's got to be lovers or a different role then.
Wait.
Oh, okay. Let's not guess her role because she'll die. No.
I'm a little confused. I think I'm behind. She the jester?
Okay, Cash, but how did you end up over there?
I came from reactor. I was on the right side of reactor and I saw you and Zoe, and then we went down from lights area down there.
Are you sure you didn't vent?
You were following me the whole time.
Yeah, you're right. I'm just messing with you.
No, I'm skipping this one. But interesting, Zoe.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting.
Man, now I'm sus.
Okay, this is good. I just gotta keep this up, to be honest. All right, I gotta figure out more sabotages to do. I think I can only kill when I am vampire, so that's not a good thing. I'm gonna go back over here and kill again. Let me in. Open that up. Thank you. And now let's see. What do I want to sabotage next? I think I'm going to sabotage lights again. Boom. All right, lights should be out. So now I will transform and kill. Maybe around here somewhere. Okay, I think it's time I turn out the lights. Once I see somebody. Hello? Why is there nobody around here? Like, at all? I need to find somebody to kill, please. Okay. Is there anybody down here? The peanut's down here. I'm gonna kill him. Uh-oh.
Where was the body?
Okay, it was in the middle. The lights flicker. So it was on the bottom right of the map.
Oh, bottom right?
Like admin?
I have no idea. Bottom right.
I was literally on my way down there. I just came from the top of decontamination or whatever. Laboratory. I have to keep everybody on my sus radar. Especially you, Nico. You could have self-reported.
True.
No, the lights turned off and I was just spamming the report button just in case. And then I walked into it.
Okay.
I don't know. You have reported multiple times.
Oh, it's called the specimen room on the bottom right. I just learned how to click tab.
Okay, Boj.
Okay, there's only 2 dead. We can just skip this one. I honestly don't know who the jester is either because there's nobody I'm like fully sus of yet.
No one's being sus. That's the thing.
I know.
I have one more task.
Besides Zoe, but I think we know what Zoe's role is.
No, you don't.
I don't know what she is. Okay, I think I have to kill Zoe because I know she's the sheriff. So we gotta go. All right, we need to sabotage a lot more often. So I'm gonna go down here and do this. I'm just gonna pretend to go up to cams and then I will kill instantaneously. Let's see who's over here. BMT's still in spawn. I could probably get an easy kill on him. That's very simple. Uh-oh, I gotta go. I gotta go. I must kill VMT. Did they just see me on cams? Ah, I must kill. And now I must go. Into the vent we go. Wait a second. We will do this. Martin?
It was in the office, just where we spawned.
Who's on cams? I know Zoe and Mia were there.
I was on cams.
Can you see anything when the lights go out?
I got off of cams, so... Yeah, no, she went to find the body. You can, like, slightly see, but I don't know if the lights were fully off. But I did see Mia walk into the office area.
I'm gonna be real, I did not see anyone the entire game. I went back to the specimen room again.
Who did we not see that entire game? Because I saw Mia and Zoe, and they were pretty clear.
I didn't see Minor either.
I didn't really see the minor. It's not Nico.
It's not Nico? I was trailing behind him?
I didn't see anyone.
Bro's the jester. Bro is the jester.
Nico is definitely the jester.
You didn't see anyone, Nico?
He's acting sus on purpose.
What do you mean? No, I didn't see the minor.
What?
At least to my knowledge. That's what I'm saying. I didn't see the minor.
I don't know anymore.
But maybe they could be the jester.
What?
Wait, what?
Oh, the miner pulled the trigger.
I thought Zoe was the sheriff.
I was the lover!
So who was the imposter?
It was Cash.
It was me, but how did you know?
Wow.
How do you know?
Dude, me and Zoe were lovers 2 games in a row, bro.
What?
Yeah.
Yo, bro, shady, bro.
I was so close. Next round. And now we're muted up. Let's see if we get anything. Back to crewmate. Honestly, it's kind of nice. But wait, I'm the sheriff. Oh, okay, this is good. This means I can kill anybody who I think is sus. Oh, okay. Well, if I see somebody sus, then I will kill them. As you can see in the bottom right, I also have a kill button. So if I see a kill, instead of just reporting it, I'll just kill the imposter if I see them. All right, let's get all this stuff done with immediately. Let me out of here. Let me out. I saw Mia and Shady over here. Wait. No one's dead? All right, Shady's there and Mia went to the left side. Okay, interesting. I feel like we're about to have a sabotage, aren't we? Oh, we definitely are. Shady, you better not kill me. Why are you following me? Why are you following me, Shady? I don't like it. I'm uploading. Hold on. BMT, Nico, please don't kill each other. Okay, perfect. Nice. Now I can go over here. Card swipe. Boom. And done. I'm gonna go up to cafeteria and do this task, and then I should have all mine done in one last swoop. Nico just came out of here. This is very interesting. No one's dead, though. Although I do have medbay. I might as well get that done while I'm at it. Why not? And this is perfect. Zoe, please don't kill me. All right. Medbay is now complete. Zoe just came, I guess, from over here. I'm not really sure, to be honest. Uh-oh. Skibbity. Where did Shady just come from? I should have followed along the other way. Okay, Shady went to the bottom one. I'll go to the top one. BMT came from this way as well. I feel like I need to loop back around and see if there's a body at the bottom. Uh-oh. Lights just turned out. What does that mean? No, I can't see anything. I cannot see. Can I not fix fix the lights as well?
Wait,
Veritas.
where is it?
Okay, can I get all of your locations?
I am bottom right.
Security.
O2.
I'm walking 2 shields. I tried to turn the lights back on, but apparently I couldn't.
Okay. Hey. One at a time, ladies. Let's start with Cash.
Okay, I tried to turn the lights back on, but for some reason you can't do it. So I guess the vampire lights are different. And then I walked 2 shields.
You just walked away from shields, and that's where Nico's body was, bro.
I walked away from shields to lights and then back to shields. And also the lights were off, so I could not see anything. Not even myself.
Peanut was upload. Where was that at?
In admin? Okay.
I was in security.
And then where were you, Mia? O2?
Yeah, I'm headed to Nav. I'm in the middle of the hallway.
I have something to say. I was not in shields.
Thank you, VMT.
You're welcome. Just wanted to clear the air.
He's sus. Vote him out.
I don't know. I guess we skip.
So we skipping?
Yeah.
I mean, IG?
Hey, what did I do?
All right. Well, I don't really know what in the world happened. To be honest, I should be a lot more locked in, but I mean, Zoe's here with me. So if she kills me, I'm going to feel so betrayed right now. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, let's watch cams. That's a good idea, Zoe. Let's do it. Watch it. Minor, I see you. I see the Peanut and Mia as well. Very interesting. Nobody's dead yet. I'm trying to keep track of everyone right now. Shady just walked out of admin. Oh, the Peanut just killed.
Wait, what?
What?
Bruh. Nico again?
What just happened?
He put a body down. I reported it, and he won?
It was Zoe?
I don't know how that even worked.
Okay, well, I was the vampire.
Oh my goodness.
I got baited.
What the Martin just happened?
Yo, I was just trying to troll, and then I won the game on accident.
Hey, W Nico. Hey.
Come on.
Ah, skibbity toilet. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we played Fortnite, but we all had to choose a random Spider-Man skin. Then, we move out as a squad of Spider-Man, and we try and win the game. We're on OG Fortnite. Y'all want to drop Pleasant?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Jump.
Let's go. And what skin did I get? Oh, I got the Miles Morales skin.
Oh, lucky.
Wait, I got Spider-Man for $20.99.
Oh.
I got the Spider Noir.
I got Spider-Punk.
Okay, well, we're all different Spider-Man, and we're dropping Pleasant, which is probably going to be the hardest one of this game, because it's the first one.
All right.
We hot drop.
Oh gosh.
All right, Cash. I'm dropping hot on the house.
All right, which house?
The house.
Yo, come doghouse. Come doghouse.
Doghouse? I forgot which one's Doghouse. I'm not going to lie. It's fine.
I'm doghouse right now.
This is doghouse.
Okay, wait, I see a chest. Gimme.
I got a burst.
I got a tactical shotgun.
Yo, help.
Wait, what? What?
Wait, the grenade icon is OG.
Oh my gosh, he had a pump, bro. That's so lucky.
Dude, I have a scoped assault rifle. What am I supposed to do with that?
Shady right there in the corner.
Dude, I'm not shady.
Oh my gosh, he's a sweat.
No, why'd they kill all my brothers?
Oh, nah. Zoe. He's right behind the door. Yeah, Zoe.
Die!
Oh!
Kill him.
Yo, shut the door.
Kill him.
I'm sorry, okay? I don't know.
Kill him. What are you doing?
Okay, Rez. Hurry, Rez. Dude, there's no way you pickaxe that guy, bro. Bro is literally dripping in sweat.
All right, double revive.
Okay.
Okay, go.
All right, double revive.
They're coming.
Uh-oh.
I got triple revive.
They're coming.
Yes.
Okay.
We did it.
No one's coming for him, bruh.
Anyone got any spare items?
Oh, I took all of them here.
I only got a pickaxe.
I'll drop some stuff.
Ooh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thank goodness.
We gotta lock in. We are all very low, and we have nothing. I have nothing.
This med kit feels really good.
Let's see if I can scope someone from out in the distance.
Dude, how did Zoe clutch that for us?
I know, that was crazy.
Much proud of you, Zoe. Good job, Zoe.
Thank you.
Good job.
Aw.
Good job, Zoe.
You guys should kiss.
What?
Shady's mind always in the gutter.
Yeah, no, you weird, bruh.
What you guys talking about? That's a normal thought.
You weird.
Oh, I see a guy right there.
Wee!
That's a normal thought.
Uh-oh. I have no ammo.
What's wrong with smooching your bros sometimes?
Yeah.
Go.
Hello, Martin. Uh-oh. He's gonna snipe me. I don't like this.
I think he knows where I'm at.
These guys know right where I'm at.
Wait, Zoe, you want some? Yeah, take these meds. Take the meds.
Give me that.
Uh-oh. He's grenading.
Yeah.
Oh, get me out of here. I don't know how I survived that.
I just want to do good gameplay.
I feel like I'm gonna get killed over here, guys.
He actually doesn't know where I am.
Over here, Zoe.
What the, okay.
Oh, no.
You're leading me the wrong way!
He's cracked.
Let him get up. I killed him. I need some loot.
Ah, I'm getting shot.
I need some loot.
Zoe, give me the shotgun.
Boo gang.
How do I drop it?
Oh my gosh, never mind. You don't even know what to drop.
They're coming.
I need something.
I've never played this!
Grenade!
Oh, they're coming in hot.
Cracked.
Uh-oh. I have no bullets.
Yo, there's too much going on for my brain right now.
Oh, no.
Oh, this is so bad.
I boxed it.
He's coming. coming, bro.
Do.
We're going to die over here, guys.
Get in here. Zoe, get in here.
I'm trying.
All right, Zoe. So
What am I doing? Oh,
they're all around us.
I have a feeling we're going to die here, guys.
are you sure they're around us? Oh, they're right there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no.
No, oh my gosh, they all just ran up on us.
Oh,
Oh, no.
they took my item.
Double pump mode.
Go in. Okay, I killed one.
Oh, all right.
Dead.
Let's go.
All right, get in here.
Okay, how to drop item?
Oh, my goodness gracious, bro. How did we kill them?
Oh, now we can reboot Juice World.
Yes! Wait, what? We're all Spider-Man, though.
Yes. Oh, right.
All right, here we go. We got to revive the rest of the gang.
Hey, my wishes in a wishing well.
Is there any heals? Please.
No.
Oh, bandages. Thank goodness.
There's no heals, and I'm about to get shot and die.
I got an electric trap. I like that.
Yo, I didn't realize you guys killed them.
Yeah, of course.
Y'all are so good.
No need to worry.
How did you not realize?
No need to worry, of course, man. We always clutch.
I'm going to reboot Nico and Zoe
All right, I'm coming with.
because they are my brother and my sister,
No, they're not.
Yo.
We're related?
and we are pure protein.
Huh?
Okay.
All right, well, I think we are the last ones in Pleasant. Oh, I hope, at least. Let's run it. Get them back in the game.
Dude, okay, wait, I'm dropping.
Okay?
Dub.
I'm dropping.
And?
Guys, I think we need to run.
Oh, the storm is coming.
I think we might need to run.
Yeah, we gotta go, guys.
Oh, God, so good.
The storm's gonna eat us alive if we don't make it in zone.
Well, I have to go back for all this loot over here.
I don't want to die.
Yeah, no, there is left. I got a lot of loot.
Maybe we go to Loot Lake. What do you guys think about that?
I'm down.
So we could get all the loot.
Give me the loot.
Yo, why are you guys all the way over there?
We're running to zone. We don't want to die.
Oh, I had no item.
Run away, you're gonna die. Are there people here?
I don't know. Hopefully this is unlooted because we need heals badly.
True that.
Bandages.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I had bandages for you the whole time.
Boy!
What the Martin?
Boy, I oughta.
See, what is that? A pistol? No, thank you.
Am I getting shot at?
I want something good.
Where am I hearing this chest at?
Oh, I got a double pump. Yes, sir. Give that to me.
Bro, the double pump isn't getting removed.
Give me this chest. Please give me something good. Yes, a med kit. Oh, that's what I wanted. That's what I needed. This may just be what I need.
This may just be what I need.
All right, med kit down. I hear another chest above. Give it to me. Oh, a shield. Literally, it is heaven now.
Let's go.
I got everything I wanted and everything I needed.
Perfect.
Yo, gang, I'm 75 HP.
Oh,
I'm taking all the free items.
I didn't see that. I'm gonna act like that was an accident. I got the revolver though.
Wait, does he need heals?
Y'all don't know I'm the revolver god.
What?
Why'd it go silent? I'm the revolver god, right?
Nah.
Right?
Eh.
No? All right, fine.
I'm going for this. Should I go this chest?
I don't know about that.
Yeah, go for the chest on the boat.
Yeah.
Please tell me nobody landed here.
Yeah, I'm about to get sniped.
Yeah, do not get sniped. Just go into the house.
All right, I got the chest. Let's go.
I hear a chest above.
I don't like how slow I am in the water.
What the Martin?
Boat gang. Oh yes, shield finally.
Shield is like better than getting a gold scar.
Literally, it's a shield shortage.
Wait, how do you drop items?
You gotta press I
I.
and drag it out.
Oh.
Ooh, I got something that I like that nobody has to know that I just got.
Is bro in the cave?
Yes, and I may have gotten a shield potion from the chest.
Monkey!
Even though Zoe might need it more. Sorry.
Wait, I'm hearing a chest.
What?
You can't to share.
Is there a chest in the cave that you missed, brother?
Where do you hear the chest, Spider-Man?
I don't know, and my spidey senses are tingling over here.
Okay.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Girl, there's a chest over there in the boat.
Oh, it's right here.
Really?
Yep. I'm going for it.
And it was a shield. Let's go. I am the skibbity slicer.
No, you're not, dude.
Anyone care to share one of those? No? Alright.
Nah, Zoe.
Yeah, Shady, why would you not share, bruh?
Zoe's the medic.
Okay, she's literally Unk and Nico's nephew.
She's literally skibbity.
Wait, what?
What?
Why you Unc Zoe?
You take that back!
Alright, I take it back, Spider-Man.
Good.
Let's go.
Yo, gang, I hate to say it, but we gotta run.
Yeah, we gotta go to containers.
Dude, does anybody have any heavy bullets?
Yes, I do.
Please give me heavy bullets right now.
I have 6.
Oh, thank you.
Nico stole them. Nah.
I have 0 heavy bullets.
Here.
Go, go, run, Cash!
I want to go to the containment center. The containers.
I want to go to your mama's house.
Why?
Ooh.
Just because.
That's a little weird, bruh.
Yeah, that is a little weird, bro.
Okay, bro.
But what if she makes cookies?
Okay, Martin, let's go.
Is there anyone at Dusty Depot?
Okay, if you were an OG, you would know it was actually a divot at one point.
Well, that was an OG. It was a depot before the divot. So actually, you're literally not OG, bro.
If you literally were like an OG and like a good player, then you would have known that I was going to turn into a divot because it says it in the lore in the book. And the handbook.
There's a book?
Probably.
All right, Zoe's a nub.
Oh.
Nub XD.
I got my revolver. This is the only long-range weapon I need.
Dude, I wish I had a revolver.
I love this thing. I'm a double revolver if I find another one.
Another one.
It's gonna be like that ninja clip.
True.
Are we getting shot at?
No.
Zoe, watch out.
We were reenacting a ninja clip. Why is there nobody over here?
I know, right? We just haven't seen anyone.
Hello, bro. Would anybody like to fight?
Bots are about to enter my view distance.
Rendering in the bots now. Wait, I see people over there. Look, revolver. Oh, hit him 54. Oh,
Are they real people?
I think they are real people. They built instantly.
Wait, no, they are real people for sure.
Oh, 100%.
Well, they're trying to snipe at. They're trying to snipe at me.
Oh, they're sniping.
Hello, Martin.
I don't want to peek. I know I'm a sniper.
Go ahead and peek.
Yeah, we should probably we should keep walking.
I see one.
Wait, no, let's just stay around here because then we'll be. It's good to stay at the edge of the circle.
I'm doing a lot of damage right now.
Is it though?
Oh, they're grenading.
Grenade!
There's a guy over here.
We can't let them get on this mountain, though, above us.
Where'd he go?
Martin.
Where did he go?
How do you know?
Yo, guys, metal can actually break metal where I'm at right now.
No way.
Guys, this team is pushing us.
Wait, they are?
Yes, they are.
Well, wait, you're the only one there. Wait, I'm gonna come with you.
Hello, Martin.
We cannot let them get over here.
Are you sure they're pushing?
Well, they tried to.
I think we should get out of here, Cash. Let's lead up over here.
All right, fine. I'll follow you guys.
Purple rocket launcher.
What?
Oh my gosh, wait.
Oh, yes.
Someone can have that sniper. Someone can have that sniper in there.
Which one? Where?
It's in like one of the crates where I built up where the wood is.
I'm getting metal right now.
Give me all your missiles. Give me all your missiles.
Does anyone have more missiles?
No.
No, I do not.
Really, Martin?
I feel like this is not a good spot to be in. They're just going to push us down here.
Yeah, no, let's get out of here.
Yeah, we gotta get out.
Let me see. I hear a chest, though. Oh, give me that chest. No, I missed it. That's the one thing about this place.
Okay, we can honestly keep rotating. I see a guy right there, right over there, Shady.
Okay, give me that chest. Ooh, grenades. I'll take that.
Well, let's get height. Let's get height up here. Go, go, go.
Yes, please. Now get me out of here. I better not get run up on right now.
Cash, you are alone right now.
I know.
I'm trying my best.
Right, you wanna go up there, Shady?
Yeah, we need to go up there.
Yeah, I'm
I'm a scout this hill down here though.
I know, I'm building up.
Okay, Martin, let's go.
Okay, I'm up here.
I'm not seeing anyone in the Wailing Woods.
Honestly, I'm just gonna make a base here. This is a really good spot.
Yo, someone's shooting me over here.
Dusty Divot was called Bloody Wound.
Mark it.
What? Oh, bro.
There we go.
What happened?
I'm getting sniped at, dude. I just lost all my health.
Wait, no, you were getting shot, bro.
Oh, no.
Oh, I just got sniped as well. Oh my gosh.
Oh, no.
You have heals, Zoe?
Uh-huh. Wait.
Drop it.
Yeah.
I need healing. I need healing.
Where are they even at?
Wait, Zoe, I'm gonna split them with you here.
Oh.
Take half of them.
Bet.
Why am I mantling? I need healing.
There's two people over there.
Oh, look, they're fighting down there.
Oh, they're down there in Bloody Wound.
He had a bloody smock on his face.
I'm not even gonna shoot them because they have snipers and I don't have a sniper.
Look at this guy down there.
I'll use my revolver. Don't worry.
Look at this guy down there.
Oh, yeah. Let him get up.
Wanna rush that guy?
Do we give up our positioning?
No, I think we're in a good spot.
Yeah, no, you're right. I have no loot though, that's the thing.
Then you better get some loot.
No, someone just got rebooted.
Hey, yo.
Spray him out of the air.
Where's he at?
Oh, he's flying there.
Nah.
Where is he?
It's over there. Oh.
Okay, Spider-Man. We need to move to the next zone once we see it. How am I missing these? There we go. 54. They're over there on that marker. I see you running there. Oh, 54.
Oh, supply drop spotted.
Oh my gosh, yes. That's so good.
They're rotating. Get them.
Okay, they're all rotating. Look at them. Ouch, ouch. Okay, yeah, I should not have peeked that. What am I doing? We need that supply drop, bruh.
We all have no shields.
Wait, let's shoot it down.
Yeah, no, legit. Wait, yeah, no, it's not close to us though. That's the thing.
Shoot it down.
It's close to us.
Alright, let's go.
We can go for it.
Pivot.
Actually, I'm not going to go for it with y'all.
Move.
Just come back up here.
Well, we were probably gonna have to rotate anyway.
Yeah, I'm staying up here.
Go get it. All right, nice. I got it.
Oh, what?
I just got a med kit. I'm just gonna med in here.
All right, bro.
That was a bun supply drop.
Really?
Yeah, I'm low-key gonna take that scoped AR. Wait, is that yours?
Low-key, do it.
Is that yours, Shady?
I'll let you have it.
Okay.
Actually, NGL, give me that.
All right, here.
Oh, I know that's hurting.
Oh, you're the blue? Okay, I'll take the blue.
I'm just doing a lot of damage with my revolver.
We gotta move.
Oh.
Let's go chop down the Lonely Lodge tower.
We are getting shot at.
True that. We got to go, Zoe. Let's move.
Dude, Shady, look at that fortress, bro.
That's what I was saying, bruh.
Oh my gosh.
Hit him 60.
Oh, my goodness, bro.
Hit him 60.
Dude, that fortress is insane.
What even is that?
Wait, if we push them, I can knock it down. I have explosives.
I do too.
Okay, wait, let's go around the map.
Let's sneak in.
We could pivot around.
Yo, I hear a chest.
They're trying to shoot me. It's not going to happen.
Look, we can control this area, and then we have access to the van if we need it.
Go.
That's some good strategy, Nico.
Thank you, guys.
I like that.
Keep up the good teamwork.
Let's take down this tower.
Ooh, I found items.
Let's maintain that energy.
Ooh, blue scar. Don't mind if I do.
Blue scar, huh?
Yo.
That's not OG.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're right there.
Oh, I'm getting blown. I'm getting blown up.
I'm at 1 HP.
Uh-oh.
He's gone.
There's a banana on Shady.
Bro.
Ouch. I need help.
I hit him.
I need a break.
I'm here.
Yeah. Yo, heal up, bro.
Wait, who am I with?
All right, I'm going to try and find some heals.
It's on the floor right there.
Oh, yes.
So we should look you get out of here.
Where's the guy?
I'm healing up.
Wait, what about Shady?
Nah, we leave him.
No.
What?
Martin, we must go in.
Dang.
I could probably get him. There's another Spider-Man!
Zoe, you do that, and then I'll go to the reboot van.
No, there's Spider-Man!
Uh-oh, Martin.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh, Martin.
Okay, someone will help me kill the other Spider-Man.
Oh, no.
No, are you serious?
Oh, Martin. Oh, Martin. Oh, Martin.
Oh, no. Cash, you need mats? I have so many mats. Only wood, though.
Sure.
I'm dropping 150 right there.
Do we have anyone's card?
Oh, there is a reboot van.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Honestly, yeah, it might have been worth getting. Is it still gonna be in the zone?
Yeah, no, they still will be in the zone. So we can honestly
You might want to
lay low, lay low.
might want to make a sneaky mission if you can
No, Cash, you want to stay here?
while they're fighting.
I will stay here.
Oh, wait, where's your guys' reboot?
What is this?
You can see him. You can see him.
Ceiling zapper? Huh.
You see Zoe's right on your screen.
Yeah.
Just be quiet. There you go. That's one.
Yeah, there's a Spider-Man.
Okay, Cash, go to the reboot van. Go to the
Oh, they're rebooting. They're rebooting.
go to the reboot van.
They're rebooting.
Oh, they are rebooting? Oh gosh, Nico, you might just want to be quiet now.
Shoot him down!
No, I can kill him.
Yeah!
I just killed one.
Nice job, Cash.
Don't you reboot without me, buddy.
Murder!
Not gonna happen. I'm gonna reboot.
Oh yeah.
They're not gonna know about it. Nobody will know. We just gotta be very quiet.
Dude, shady, bro.
Very quiet.
We're gonna make it.
Shady, bro.
I need focus.
Oh boy,
Bro, shady.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm getting shot at.
You're getting bombed, dude.
I'm getting shot at.
Run, Cash!
Okay.
Uh-oh. So what are we on me? Oh, help! I need help.
Uh-oh.
I need a break.
I don't have anything. I had nothing.
Bro, I gotta get a gun.
Guys, I'm literally right above the team in the big fortress. I'm just gonna wait for them to pivot, and then I'm gonna shoot all of them.
Uh-oh. I died. I need help.
How many people? How many people?
There's one guy. Oh, my goodness.
Zoe, don't come towards me. No, Zoe, don't come towards me.
Okay.
I reboot for what?
Oh,
Yo,
I should not have gone for that.
somebody's walking towards me.
Yo, Cash, look at this. They're above me, bro.
Oh, nah.
I am so low right now.
wait. I don't have your reboot card.
Oh, we might be cooked. It's a 7-tick.
Bro.
Come on, Nico.
Oh. wait, that med kit was used?
Yeah, if you walk with it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, GG's. Oh, yes.
We're cooked. How are you alive?
Yo, shady.
Make your way to Shady.
I know. I'm walking towards him.
Watch out for the guy to your...
Come on, bro. Come on.
You know, I'm gonna have to go under here.
They're gonna hear my footsteps.
Let me go to you.
Oh my.
Let me go to you.
What are you doing, bro?
No.
Why did you pivot?
No.
And we're dead.
There's a bomb!
Ow! Stop.
How is this...
Come on.
Stop.
Intense gameplay!
Oh, the heel sticks. All right, Nico, lock in.
Get out. What is that?
Just build tunnels.
Who's cooking something?
It's the electric trap. Just build a bunch of tunnels because they're going to grenade one spot.
Become a mole!
Oh.
You got a lot of mats. Use them.
Heals.
Yeah, come here. I have bandages.
No. I have bandages. It's all good.
He got some.
Nico, you got to get in the zone.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You got to go to Shady.
We're low-key in zone, kinda. You gotta just come this way.
They have to just drop to you and you have to shoot them.
Oh, they're in there. Don't walk in there, bro.
Okay.
It's a zap trap.
Wait, do they have shield? Oh, they're above us, bro. They have so much.
It's not just us, though. It's like, I think it's 2 teams.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'm gonna build more.
If they drop down, just take high ground.
I don't have any mats. Yo, how many mats you got?
I have like a decent amount.
Yo, can you split? All right. Ooh, okay, that's huge.
Metal.
Did they drop down? No.
I don't know.
His end.
They're fighting another team, I think.
Take their stuff while they're fighting. Oh, he's in here.
Oh, here.
Get him.
Yeah, let him get up. Let him get up.
Nice.
Watch out.
Hit the guy.
Dead.
Oh, take all that loot.
Watch out.
Watch out for them. Oh!
Oh!
Oh my gosh, bro.
Y'all walked into an electric trap.
Dude, that was Nico, bruh.
Nah.
Oh my gosh.
We tried.
Oh my goodness. That was so close.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, I spent a ton of money on V-Bucks in Fortnite, and I used it to buy some things in the shop and play some games. Let's see if I can get a win with all my new gear. Currently, I have 7,490 V-Bucks. And if we go over here to the shop, you could get 13,500 for the low price of $90.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy like 5 of these. I'll be right back.
Okay, you'll give me one too, right?
No.
Lol.
Okay, now I have 50,000 V-Bucks. I just spent a ton of these. And before we hop into a game, I'm gonna buy something from the shop.
Let's see how Sigma you can get.
Oh, give me Skull Trooper. I want Skull Trooper.
Wait. Please don't buy Renegade Raider in respect to the OGs.
Alright, I'm buying Renegade Waito. Never mind, I need 1.5 million XP. I guess not today. But we will get the Deep Dab.
This emote is so bad. Oh my gosh.
You should get the hula hooping emote, bro.
Ain't no way. I'll buy more later. Let's hop into a game.
I'm gonna have the perfect landing.
All right, Peanut, I'm gonna land with you. Actually, I'll go to this house.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I think Mia's gonna land by the time everybody's already dead.
Give me up. All right, here we go. Please, nobody land on my house. I swear. Let me get this chest.
Oh my gosh, I got a bush. Let's go.
Oh, yes, sir. I got a shotgun. There's someone under me. I hear them.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, where you at? Oh, I killed one.
Thank goodness.
His teammate's definitely gonna come for the revenge. I gotta watch out. Let me just get this chest in here.
Bro, why do I get 3 of the same types of submachine guns, bro? What even is this?
Where's his teammate at? Are you gonna come get your teammate, bruh? Hello? I guess not. All right, cool.
He said heck no and left.
I'll just keep getting these chests then. It's gotta be on the other side of this wall, I think. Oh yeah, doghouse. Ooh! I got the Deku Bob Dum Dum.
What is that?
From a chest?
Yes, from a chest.
No way.
Oh my goodness. Give me that. Gold scar. Let's go. Yes.
There is a squadron. Bro!
Oh. Wait, a squad killed Shady? That's not good.
Bro, it's like a team mixed with real players and bots.
Oh no.
There was like 8 of them over there, bro.
Okay, do not rush them, Peanut. Oh no. Mia, just stay away from them.
Okay.
All I have is attack, and I don't really like that. I kind of want to pump if I'm going to fight them. Give me mats.
I have 14 builds.
I'm just going to let them fight it out first, and then I'll go rush. Maybe I'll stand over here in the middle.
I think it's good. I think the bots are dead. It's probably just the real people. Yeah, you see them.
Oh, true that. He saw me too. They're on me, Mia. They're on me.
I think that's the guy that I killed at first.
Oh, they're both shooting at me.
8 builds, 8 builds.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a bush.
Oh, Mia, help.
I'm trying. I fell.
I have no builds.
I have none either.
This is not good.
I don't even know where I'm getting shot from.
Uh-oh. What's the Martin?
He's low. He's so low. He's actually so low.
Where they at, though?
Down low. Multiple.
Hello, bro.
Uh-oh, behind you.
Whoa, I have no builds. Yeah, I'm dead there. Oh, man. Oh, I'm gonna have to play this round without my gold scar. I already miss it.
Oh, my boot gang, sire.
This was the chest I got it from, too. The doghouse chest.
Oh, lucky.
Really? Here, take your bullets, buddy. They're upstairs.
I got my bullets.
Well, I gave you more.
Have more.
You won't believe it. Sir?
What?
I got a gray assault rifle.
Dude, you made it seem like you just got something good, bro. That's like buns.
Oh, yes. I got a green pump, though. I'll take that any day.
Okay. It doesn't look like there's that many people here.
Wow. They said no one left.
They said, oh, no. I'm not going pleasant.
Okay, I don't think they actually said that, dude.
Okay. I guess I'll take a tack for now. Whatever. Give me something good. 2 tacks? Really? I want a pump shotgun. Please.
I like it a lot.
Yes, a pump. Thank you.
Dude, get away from me, you weirdo. Stop it.
Somebody fighting you right now?
Stop running from me.
Oh, I already see one person crawling over there. He's running. He's running. Hey, yo, let him get up. There's another one right there.
Little Deku.
Little Deku. Anybody else? Doesn't look like it.
Where did they all die at?
I'm just looting chests back here.
Yeah, you do that. You loot chests or whatever the heck you said.
I said I was looting chests.
Yeah, you loot it. You do that. Duty booty poo.
Bro, you are talking not English right now.
I have a setup.
You got a setup, Mia?
I think so.
What's your gun sound like?
Da-da-da-da. Okay.
I think Mia likes spraying. She doesn't like the shotguns.
I'm not good at any of these guys.
She could be the grenader.
True.
You get explosives.
She could be the grenader / healer.
Healer. Healer's crazy.
Mia, I need healing. Help me.
I have a lot of healing if you need it.
Well, I'm just gonna kill this guy, actually.
Oh, there's somebody on Shady? Dubs.
Yeah, well, he's dead now because I sniped him. Hopefully his teammate doesn't just come up out of nowhere and just absolutely go season 4 John Wick on me.
Rotation time. Mia, we're going over to zone. I think Greasy's over there.
I am coming.
Going to the storm. You know what? I'm gonna use the scoped assault rifle this game.
Someone's behind me. Peanut.
Where at? Oh, I see them. Yeah, they're rushing you. Just build, Mia.
You get away, buddy.
Is it a real person?
Might be a bot.
No, he's dead. Wait, there's another one right there. He's one. That's a bot. 100%.
Oh, I see him. Bro, hiding behind the tree.
Let him get up. Let him get up. There's one more alive. Where are they at?
He was behind that wood.
I think I knocked someone.
Oh, I see him. I saw his little leg.
What?
Grenades, watch out. Oh, wait, that's Mia. I see people crawling everywhere. I think the Peanut sees him. Oh, wait, he's right there. Yeah.
They're scouring.
Yippee!
All right, I'm going to collect this loot and then come back so we can rotate.
They're festering in Pleasant Park.
The bots actually drop a lot of mats. This is so goated.
Yeah, OP farming strat.
Let's go. There's a supply drop right there if we want to get it too.
Ooh.
Yeah,
It may have the potentiality of a gold scar.
I think I like my odds. You're asking the right guy.
Why he talking like an anime character?
I don't know.
This is my normal voice, Baka.
Bro, you are not the main character.
This is my normal voice, you little Baka.
Oh, nah.
Well, it looks like we have company. They just popped a supply drop.
They did? No.
Team, on me.
I'm coming.
All right, let's all make sure we're together. Do not go in alone.
Team, let's group up. I have a feeling that these guys are real enemies.
Do you need meds? I have meds.
I think we're chilling.
Hit them 105. I bet he didn't like that.
We're not even near you, bruh. Oh, I see them. They're on top of that mountain, huh?
No, it's okay. I'm maintaining a safe distance from these punks. They won't even know what hit them once we activate our team mode.
Where are they going? Should we rush them?
You know what? I like that idea. Let's do it. Watch out, sniper.
Sniper, get down! I'm going up the side. Move forward. Let's go.
I'm shooting down their stuff for you.
Hit 105 again.
Oh, dub. All right, I'm going up.
Behind me, behind me, behind me. Oh, there's a dude that's down here.
Oh, that's a real team. That's a real team.
Oh, this guy's low.
Dude, there's people everywhere. What in the world?
Hello, bro. Hello, bro. Whoa! He jumped in my box. No! Are you serious? Bruh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That was the worst time for another team to attack.
Dude, there's so many teams in this tiny area. Oh my gosh, bro.
One dead. Yo, Peanut, you gotta go get that shield pot. What? He's on Peanut. Oh, nice. Well, Peanut's kind of goated. Hold on.
All right, there's actually a lot of shield potions. There's no way we make it out of here alive.
No, you got this. You can make a run for our reboots.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do that.
You got time, though. You're in zone.
Okay, well, we both got some decent amount of health. Yo, Peanut, there's a med kit down here.
Uh-oh, they're shooting at Shady.
Oh, bro, they're everywhere, dude.
I'll help him. Get high ground, Peanut. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, on Shady. And he's getting sprayed.
Bro, this guy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
So lame.
That was cooked.
So lame, bro. They're everywhere.
You guys want to land together?
Yeah.
I'm landing on this house. I got the perfect drop for it.
We finally got a retail drop. Is someone gonna steal this burst from me? You better not. All right, who's landing?
There's so many people, so many people, so many people.
There's a lot of people around.
Whoa, 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 I'm gonna get shot at.
I'm shooting at people too. I hit a Spider-Man. All right, I should probably get some more weapons though.
Cash, come downstairs, please.
All right, run in, run in. One ran in. There's one dead.
He fell for the trap.
Oh, there's another. His teammate's here. Hello, bro.
Back door. Gun, back door.
Run, run.
Front door.
Hello, bro. There's dead. Okay, I took his revolver. I need to heal up.
Oh, I got hit down.
Oh, there's a bloody.
Bloody.
There's a lot of people around me, by the way.
Yeah, there's a lot. I'm running in.
There is? Just hide, just hide, just hide. We're gonna pull up on you in a second.
All right, I'm gonna try.
They're pushing you, Cash. 3 people, run.
Run! Whoa! Whoa!
There's one dead. Two dead. Another one right here.
The other one ran out.
Stop running from me. Uh-oh. Hello, bro. Where's he running to? Oh, he's right there. Dead. Killed him. Anybody else?
Thank you.
Who else wants some smoke? I need some shotgun bullets.
I don't got many. Oh, I should not have used that medkit. I should have given it to Mia. It's okay. Thank goodness we survived that.
I have a present for you for saving me. I just can't get up there.
What is it?
Here it is.
Ooh, I got a purple bolt.
Wow.
I don't know how to ping it. It's down here.
Oh, shield potion. Thank you.
Very beautiful.
Oh, that's goated. Let's go.
You're so beautiful, I almost hung up.
Okay, what?
I'm on the hunt for a singular weapon.
Mia, you ain't got no weapons?
I have my pickaxe.
She ain't got no gun.
She ain't got no gun.
Retail's good to farm a lot of metal. There's so many cars here.
True. It's like a shopping complex. Ooh.
Is there anybody else in these houses?
I don't see anyone.
Not that I know of.
I think they're probably the ones that we killed.
Ooh, a Slurpee juice.
Slurpy little slurp juice.
A little Slurpee juice.
All right, where's everyone else at? Let's see if we can look for them. I got my sniper. I'm ready to snipe.
I got a sniper too.
Sniper.
They're looking for the shooter.
I'm right here.
I'm right here. I'm right here, Data Bio.
I just want to pump. That's all I'm asking. Do you hear that shooting? I hear that shooting.
I do, and I see it. They're over there.
Where they at? Oh, I hit him 110. Oh, yes, sir.
Good snipe.
Those are real players for sure.
Hit him 105, dead.
Oh, yeah. Here, I'll finish him for you. There you go.
Good. Now we can push them while they're down a man.
Yeah, they're not getting that res.
Werewolf bro, on me.
Hello, bro. Peek that head of yours. I see them behind there.
I'm converging on their location.
I see them back there. Ah.
Cracked.
Nice. How am I missing that?
Why are you running?
There's a person in this building I'm on.
Okay, hold on. There's someone running back there. They're on Shady. We should help him.
Okay.
You guys should help me.
Help him. Stay alive. Stay alive.
You guys should help me now. You guys should help me now.
I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna shoot at the person.
Okay, anyone else?
I don't know. I just destroyed all of them. What have I done? There's a med kit over here if anybody wants it.
Ooh, a pump. Yes, give me that. Ooh, 2 pumps. Yes, give me that.
Grenade launcher.
Yeah.
There's a grenade launcher.
Yeah, one of you guys can have that.
Look at all this free loot.
Look at all those chickens.
Thank you.
Oh.
Is that a bush?
I'm a bush.
That's a bush. Would you like it?
Yeah, I'll take it. Why not?
Hop it then, buddy.
We the Bush Squad. Look at us.
Yippee!
Keep your eyes peeled. Y'all seeing any teams around here?
I'm looking. My eyes are peeled open.
I would like to rush them.
Oh, I see somebody on a launch pad. I should go for the snipe. Headshot. Midair.
Is that a normal bush?
Where?
I think it is. Where is everyone?
Let's go on top of this building. Oh, that was a far drop.
Yeah, the zone is this way, so we will go.
Ooh, Ooh, spike trap.
Oh, we will get a flush factory ending. Beautiful.
Wow, beautiful. Like you, Shady.
What?
What?
What you say?
I didn't say anything. I said you were very beautiful.
You're so beautiful, I almost hung up.
I don't think Mia likes being in this call anymore.
Y'all are weird.
What? Nothing wrong with hyping your friend up.
You right.
Mia, stand down.
I don't see anyone. Oh, I see a jump pad. It looks like they jumped all the way over there.
Oh, I'm gonna use the jump pad. Let's scout out some people with it.
Oh, hold on. You said there's a jumpy pad?
Oh, yeah, there is.
Yeah, over here. I don't know how to ping, though.
Yeah, I got you.
Maybe I'll get up there and bounce with you guys.
Hello? Where did all the players go? We just want to talk. Look, I'm just a floating bush in the air. Please don't shoot me. Oh, you see someone?
Oh, I see them.
Oh, yes, they're over there.
Oh, 269 meters.
Oh!
Dead.
Should we rush him? What do you think?
Well, I mean, he was a single finish, so
Oh, okay.
maybe he's another team over there.
I'm looking around. I'm not seeing anyone just yet. There's shooting coming from that way.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of people, but those are definitely real players because I see one in a bush.
Okay, so what should we do?
And they just lasered the peanut, so they might be of danger to us. So I think we should stick together.
Yeah, we definitely should. Let's see if I can get a nice little snipe, though.
I'm gonna do that same thing, matter of fact. Matter of fact.
Matter of fact, no, they're trying to shoot the jump pad. Don't you do that. I'm gonna cover it up.
Yeah, good idea.
I see someone. I can't ping him, but I'm shooting at him. He's low. He's hit 31.
I see him too. I missed my shot. I see a little bush camping in there. Anybody have sniper bullets?
Team behind us, 24. Pushing us low, went down the mountain.
Oh, I see them. I see them. Yeah, they're down there.
I see them. I'm hiding.
I got one grenade. Hey, yo, bruh. They got a sniper.
How many snipper bullets do they have? Or do you have?
2. All right, where they at?
Hey, 105. One behind the tree.
Oh, good. Oh, I sniped one of them.
Okay, that's not the one I sniped.
Nah, he's trying to heal his teammate down there.
Do we engage on this?
He sniped me, but I grenaded them.
They're right there. They just healed. Okay, I knocked him again. It's okay. One of them's so lasered.
Yeah, keep pressuring him. Keep pressuring him. Dead.
Yes. Okay, watch out for the other team. Wait, we gotta heal Mia.
Okay, I'm getting all their stuff. Y'all need to probably come down here. There's a lot of mats. Stay up on the hill and watch that other team, too.
We need to use that jump pad.
All right. Where's the other team?
I got 19 health. You are the best, dude.
Okay, let's see. Let's go get a height on that big tree.
I need some mats and some ammo.
Is there more mats down there?
Kind of.
I need ammo.
What ammo?
I need ammo, too.
Sniper, shotgun, AR.
Here you go, and here you go.
Do we bring the mats up to you?
Yes. All right, where are they at?
I think we need to get height on this tree.
All right, I'm just gonna go down and loot.
I'm bringing the mats up.
All right. Dang, I got 9 wood. Nah.
Okay, I'm up where the jump pad is. Where did you go?
Coming up. All right, let me get some. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, that's a lot. I don't need all that.
I have 200 metal on me.
I'm maxed. You could take the wood back.
Okay.
All right, let's follow them. Ready? Jump pad. Go. Go where Shady and the Peanut are. Do you guys want to shoot at me? Where are you hiding?
Not gonna lie, I have no idea where they at.
I don't see them.
Neither do I. Just don't get sniped. Don't stand still.
Oh, I see one.
Oh, I see them. Yeah.
Oh, I see a person. 167.
Oh, nice. What is he doing? All right, do not get sniped. I'm gonna try and snipe one of these guys. Peek y'all's heads. Oh, we have zone. Man, I have no sniper ammo. Does anybody have any?
Headshot.
No.
Oh, nice. Peanut, do you have any sniper?
Yeah, Loki, I need some more too. I think we're all out.
Oh, no. I might have to swap to the revolver. All right, don't get sniped. Don't get sniped. Do not stand still in the open.
What was that?
I hit him 57. Okay, the revolver's my gun.
I tried to grenade them.
That's funny.
It doesn't go that far.
They have to come to us.
True that.
I have 4 ceiling zappers. I don't know what those are, though.
They're mid.
I thought so.
Stop running. Oh, I killed one. Knocked one. Over there. They're probably gonna get rezzed.
Nice. Will they res?
Peanut knocked one.
Oh, nice. I see him shooting from over there.
Yo, where are they going?
I don't know. They're just running across the place. I don't know what happened to my bush. I think it got hit off me.
They're about to die in the storm.
For real.
And I have no more bullets.
Oh, nah.
Ah, they're sniping.
It's okay. Just res.
Ah!
Oh!
The storm.
We're good. Just don't fall down the mountain, yes? Man, I need to hit my revolver shots. I can't see anything. Hello, bro. I hit him 57. We gotta go forward.
I'm sorry.
Let's run down to where Shady is. Follow him.
Boy, I gotta gain some distance on him.
Yeah, lock in.
Keep him out of the zone.
Hello, bros. Oh, there's one. Hit 57. Dead. Oh, this is gonna be slight. Where they at, though? I hear footsteps. Is he on you, Shady?
Yep, he's dead.
Let's go.
Yeah!
We did it. Took a while because they were hiding.
My first victory royale.
Okay, Mia. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Guys, today we're going to take a test online that's going to make us feel like we're legitimately going crazy. But before we do anything, I need to put a real disclaimer on this video, guys. If you're easily freaked out or you actually get scared from like somebody saying they're going to come and kill you, do not watch this video. Apparently, this is a very psychological game and it can get in your head. So let's just hope that doesn't happen to me. Okay, you have been warned. I'm just letting you know beforehand. Anyways, we start off on this screen that says, warning, this test contains materials that may be harmful or traumatizing to some audiences. It also may
include visual effects that may harm the viewer. Please proceed with caution. I usually try and play games on this channel that everyone can enjoy, but this one was just so interesting to me and I really wanted to play it. I really hope you guys don't hate me for playing this. Anyways, let's go ahead and continue. My sound's kind of low, so I can't hear much. It's all just like a little buzzing sound in my earphones. No dogs were harmed. That is this test is not a virus. Okay, no people were harmed. I think it's just telling me all this beforehand. Your information is not going to be used for illegal purposes. Wear headphones. I am wearing headphones. And keep your eyes on the screen. Okay. So what if I try and look at the camera? Fear assessment. Oh man. I'm horrified, but I'm excited at the same time. I have no idea what I'm even getting into. The fear assessment program is a specialized test developed and implemented by government agencies to collect data on physical... This test uses your webcam and information on your hard drive. In order to follow the test to its full extent, you must follow these 6 rules. Leave all doors in sight wide open. Make sure you're alone. Turn off all lights. Follow all instructions. Stay focused on the test. Ignore all auditory and visual hallucinations. Okay, well, I'm alone, but I need to go open my door and turn off my lights, so I'll be right back. All right, everything is off. My door is wide open. Oh man, this feels weird. I've never actually turned off the lights behind me. What? All right, but we're good now, so we can continue. Here we go. If you see a face on the right, then you are experiencing psychosis and must end this test immediately. Well, I see a face on the right. I'm not experiencing psychosis. I know you're trolling me, game. Is it gonna jump scare me? It's too early. All right. Well, I'm gonna pray that is not that's not a face that I'm seeing. I hope I'm just imagining that. Hi. Oh, you don't look too happy. You look... Okay, well, that was... Right, press space if an audio plays or image flashes on the screen. Okay. Wait, I have to press space every time I hear or see something? I hear something. I see something. Okay, why is that? Yo, chill. Got it. Pressing space. Yo, why is it? Yo, chill. I'm not even ready. Okay. That date at the bottom, that date and time is actually accurate, by the way, guys. I'm not even kidding. Okay, chill. Can we chill? I heard... Was that a fart? What was that? We done? Level 0 completed. Okay, that went way too fast for me. I didn't... Are you farting? Okay, we will begin the next level in 10 seconds. All right. Hold on. Guys, this date... Level 1. Click on the faces. How much time do I have to click on it? Well, that's a face. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. I see you right there. Alrighty, Martin. Is that a skeleton? I'm trying to see if there's any other faces that I might be missing. I think that is the face, though. Okay. Good. Oh, yeesh. I see you there. Why is this actually terrifying? Okay. Oh, we got that one right there. Yep, I see you. All right. Hi. I just click on you? Oh, God. Oh, my God. What is that? Oh, that's morbid. Yo, this is actually morbid. Stop showing me the same one. Why? Stop. You're showing me the same one. What do I do? Oh, God. Is that even a face? That doesn't even look like one. I heard something. Oh, nah. I heard something. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, my God. What? You naked. These guys' faces are messed up. If I saw you at the top of my stairs, I'd move out immediately. I don't even... Oh, okay. Well, you kind of look normal. So, I'm not even that scared of that one. Oh, but... Okay, yeah. Of course, we go from that to this, though. God, the way this game looks is terrifying, bro. Level 1 complete! And I'm not fully freaked out just yet. So, what we got next? We will begin the next level in 10 seconds. Let's go. Level 2, question and answer. All right, here we go. This is the actual survey part. Do you ever feel like you are being watched? I mean, no. I mean, I'm being watched by you guys, so yes. Okay. What else? Have you ever heard a voice call your name but no one was there? Actually, yeah, all the time. I don't even know. There's like there's a name for that, but yes. I feel like everyone's experienced that, right? Pay attention. To what? Let us into your mind. You will embrace us? Oh my God, bro. All right. Alright, yo, let's chill, bro. I did not like that one bit. I actually have goosebumps now. That's fine. I'm good. I'm good. I'm not totally freaked out. Just a little bit. I don't know why they wanted me to open my door for this. But now I kind of feel like I gotta close it. Alright, I'm good. I'm good. That was just a lot. Okay? Bro. Okay, I have people in my office and I thought that it was them making noise. That's just the game. I was getting freaked out for a second. If a figure was to appear from the corner of your room, you would scream, cry, pray, or run. Depends on what kind of figure. I mean, I don't really scream. I don't really pray. I don't really cry. So I guess I would run. Or why can I not, like, fight back, though? Have you ever thought about being tortured to death? No. I mean, yeah, but no. I'm just gonna say no. Are you distracted and not paying attention to your surroundings? A little bit. Yeah, it's kind of hard to record a video and not pay attention to your surroundings, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna say yes. Don't do that scary thing again. Do you have loved ones? Yeah, I mean, obviously. I got my mommy and daddy. Do you care for animals? Well, yeah, of course I do. What you mean? Everyone loves animals. Level 2 complete. I didn't like that one. Oh god, if it gets worse from there, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to play this game, bro. It's kind of freaking me out, and I play horror games every single day on this channel. Level 3, which one? What? Which one? The baby? Oh my... What? Bro, that was it? That's level 3? Listen. Press space if you can't handle the audio. Alright, really? That was a cheap jump scare. Why do I have to listen to this? I'm not hearing anything. The game, like, got louder. It was quiet at first, but now it's, like, actually loud. I'm not gonna press space. I'm not pressing it. Nope. Ain't gonna happen. Yep. Play all the audio you want. Alright, that one was not that bad. Bro, that breathing at the very, like, for a split second, that breathing actually kind of freaked me out. Alright. Are we just playing loud sounds now, game? Is that it? Thank you. Dude, how many sounds are we gonna play, bro? What is this? Is that it? You good now? Got all of it out? Thank you. Hey. Bro, I don't like the sounds of this game sometimes. Okay. We will begin the next level in... Alright. Yep. 10 seconds. Why is this one off center on the screen? I guess I shouldn't care, right? Alright, here we go. Hi. You looking at me? I'm looking at you. I don't know who you are, but I don't like the way you stare at me. Should I click you on the eyeball? Oh, I can click you. Do I want to click the eyeball, though? I don't think I want to. You know what? I'm gonna click it. Boom. Okay. Why did I just get a sound on my screen? Hello? Hello? Wow. Thanks, bro. Thanks for that. Why are you smiling at me? Created by Alexander Wiseman. Is that it? There's no way, bro. Oh my god. Okay, that actually freaked me out because I thought the sounds were coming from exactly where my door was, and I thought there was someone to the right of me. Okay, guys, I just got word that it's not actually the end of the game, and you can actually keep going past this screen right here. So, the test begins now. Oh, level 6, suffer. We are entering. Oh my god, we will get in your head? At all costs. Oh my god. You can't hide from us. Bro, I legitimately have goose. The game just closed. Really? Okay. Dude, the game... Guys, look at this. Oh, editor, blur that. That is literally my... Okay, that is my computer name. That's my name. All right, cool. Editor, please make sure you blur that. The police can't save you. You are all alone. Bro, it's doing this by itself. Light the candle. The game is just... I am not full screening it or anything right now. It's moving on its own right now. Level 6 complete. Guys, I can see my taskbar down here now. Like, why? You can see the time. We will begin the next level in 10 seconds. I can't even read. Bro, did I download a virus? Is this a Oh my god, look at the game name. Level 7 Autopsy. Jason Miller, death by bludgeoning with a brick to the mouth? What do you want? You want me to click the brick that's in his mouth? Ew, I see a face right there. Curtis Camp, death by gunshot to the head. What do you mean gunshot? By shotgun? His entire head's gone. Alan Marvin, death by shotgun between the legs? Brother, what? Ew. Cecilia Buckingham, death by lead bullet lodged in the heart. These better not be real autopsies, bro. I don't even know if this is allowed on YouTube anymore. Level 10? Do I just click your face? Is that it? I need to stop backing away from my computer. I'm like legitimately like, I don't like how this game name is just that and how it's just controlling my computer now. And it showed my file names. We'll begin the next level. Stop with the noises. Oh my god. Okay, thank you. Level 8 response. What is your deepest fear? My deepest fear? Girls? Interesting. You making fun of me? What is this? What's your favorite color? I mean, it's either red or black. But I'm gonna put, what if I put 42, 50? Oh, I can't put numbers in. Hello. Oh, that doesn't work. All right. Oh, what would you do if your family disappeared? Find them? I can't find. Where should I bury them? So you got my family. You're gonna, yeah. You took my family, huh? Good one. All right. Bury them. I don't know. Bikini Bottom. Are you sure? Okay, fine. Graveyard. There. Am I sure? Yes? I don't know. Yes. It doesn't let me. I'm pressing enter. Are you afraid? No. Be completely honest with me. No. No. Not afraid. I am a little. Have you ever feared for your life? I will murder your family one by one slowly. I'm not scared of you. I got my door open and I'm just gonna keep checking it. It's not letting me even say anything. What would you do if I was behind you? Well, I'm looking at my camera right now and there's nobody behind me. So, I would, Stop putting this in my chat. I would, if you were behind me, I would kiss you. Yep. Nope. You're not gonna take, oh. Wait, what would do if there were people in your walls? There's nobody in my walls, bruh. Alright? Stop putting this in my chat as well. I would kill them. That's what I would do.
Can't get on my property, buddy. This is Texas.
Are you having fun?
Obviously not.
No. I'm not having fun. Why would this be any fun? I'm about ready to... 9. Okay. Am I supposed to remember these numbers? I see a face starting to form right there. Oh, I knew it.
I knew I saw your little forehead.
You don't scare me anymore. You don't scare me. I know you're trying to freak me out. It's not gonna work though. It'll never work. Okay, maybe it's working a little bit. Alright. Alright. Can we chill? Can we chill with the loud noises, please? I don't like how there's 3 of you. Do I click something? Hello? I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it. All right. All right. That's enough. Okay. God, dude, this game just loves to get in your head, bro. It's not gonna work on me, though. 10? What you mean 10? Your results. Did I pass? Fear rating 8 out of 10? I wasn't even that scared. Heart rate 112? You don't know my heart rate. Oh, we appreciate your participation. Do not seek medical professionals or the police. Is this actually the end, or are you lying to me now? Oh, this is actually the end. Wait, Markiplier? Wait, that's actually kind of cool. So I'm guessing that's actually the end. Close this test. This program was altered by a third party. What you mean altered by a third party?
Hello? Is it open? I'm just gonna go ahead and click it.
All right. Well, I'm most definitely uninstalling that right now because I don't like how it showed my file names and got into my PC. That was actually kind of freakish, but I thought it was gonna be a fun video. It was actually a really good test. If you want to see more videos like this, click one on your screen here. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Today, I played a Lucky Block race against my friends in Fortnite. Each person gets around 20 Lucky Blocks to go all the way through, and at the end, you all have to fight it out in a zone war to see who got the best items. So let's see if I can get the luckiest and kill all my friends. Okay, we each have a path of Lucky Blocks all the way to the end, and at the end, we're all gonna fight to see who wins with their items. Mia, you go first.
Oh, I love it.
I got this.
Come on, Shaq.
Okay, I'm gonna break my block, alright?
All right, go for it.
Okay, give me something good.
Oh,
Oh, what'd she get?
Ooh, I got like a plumber.
Wow.
all right, Zoe.
Okay, let me go. Give me something good. Hey, stop it!
Are you still in her Lucky Block?
Maybe I tried.
What is that? Where am I?
Where did she go?
What just happened to Zoe?
Gone. Reduced to atoms.
Why is there a fish?
Is she going fishing?
I have to go fishing?
Oh, she's going fishing. All right, I'm opening mine. Kaboom! Oh!
Oh my. What the boom?
Where did that bomb just come from?
Dude, it's still floating there.
I know, I'm scared of it. All right, you go.
Yo, why is Shaq walking up on me like that?
I don't know what this does.
You got an ice cream cone? Okay.
Ooh, it just gave me 100 health, 100 shield.
All right, Mia.
Okay, my turn.
Yo, why is she walking up on us like that?
I just want to see what my stuff does.
Why are you trying to
Dude, why am I stuck fishing?
Wood.
Oh, well, Zoe's still stuck, so I'm going to go again. My turn. Ooh.
Oh, he got some good stuff.
Okay. Some skibbity weapons.
Let me see what I get. Oh, I have to find the button.
Mia, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm back.
Mia trying to kill me.
Nothing.
Take that.
Ow, ow!
All right, Zoe, what are you getting?
Did I get something good? Coal!
Is that a rock? Oh, nah.
Really? A lump of coal?
Where's Shady? Did he get teleported?
Take it. Yeah.
I had to find the button. I was trapped.
Oh, okay. I'm going to go again. I want to see my next Lucky Block.
Yo, Shaq! Shaq!
Yo, Shaq, cut it out.
Ow!
I shot her. Go. Oh, chug cannon.
We're just going full bus mode now?
We're just going?
Oh, yeah. I'm going full mode.
Y'all are dead.
Nah, I'm going.
I have a chug cannon.
Y'all are dead.
Watch out with that sword, bruh.
Oh, Cash.
Yeah.
Hey,
No, do you know what this is? No. Do you not remember this? Season 7?
I do. Stop it.
So what does this do?
Stop it. Whoa. Help me. Oh, wait. I can't even shoot you back here.
Guys, what does this do?
Dance.
Look, you can't attack me.
Oh, yeah, dance.
Did you airstrike me?
Oopsie.
Shaq, what's up, Shaq?
It's time for me to go back in. Ooh, presents.
You ready to dance?
I'm opening a present. See y'all.
Oh!
Yes, minis. I'll take that.
Ow!
I'll take a submachine gun.
Really? You just take my weapons like that?
I did it. I left him.
Why is somebody placing mines outside of my box?
I was about to say.
How do I blow them up?
Don't blow up my weapon.
I need another Lucky Block. Give me something better, please. Mats, I'll take that.
Ooh, I'm getting some good stuff, man.
Oh, I got a Firefly drawer. I don't know if I want it, though. I kind of just want, like, a good loadout. Not the overly random stuff, you know?
Oh my, I gotta find the button again.
A lump of coal? No, take that. I threw it at Zoe.
Hey, I don't want the coal.
All right, my fault. Ooh, a bush. A big bush bomb. Hey. What are you doing? Hey. Whoa, watch it.
Banana. Explode!
What is that? Why is there a dynamite? Yo, you better chill over there, Mia. Take those fireflies.
I am.
Oh, I missed. Take those fireflies.
Oh, no. I think I'm good.
Okay.
Wait, what is this fish?
Apparently, I'm buns at throwing stuff. There we go.
Max builds.
Ow!
Sorry. I lit Zoe on fire.
Don't make me throw this grenade at you.
I don't even know if it matters if we kill each other during this. Uh-oh. Wait, what? What just happened? Whoa! What is that thing?
Yo, what's going on with you, bro?
Help me. Oh, wait. Never mind. I'm goated. Watch. I'm killing all of them. Oh, yeah, dead. Dude, is Shady flying with wings right now? I don't even know what I'm looking at.
No way.
I'm still going. There's a shadow next to me. Is that you, Mia?
How do I get out of the shadow form?
I could shoot her with shadow form.
Please spare me. Zoe.
The dub?
Okay, and no, nah.
Huh. I was just trying to test it.
Oh, nah. Wait a second. I got some cool items.
Do, do, do. Ah!
Oh,
Really?
she's alive.
That's it. Take that.
Bro.
Enough.
Take that.
No, you cut it out. Oh, Mountain. Okay,
Oh. I kept my stuff.
I'm going back.
Jump, jump, jump.
Can I steal some of Shady's items with this? Ooh. Oh, I stole his wings.
You stop it.
Hardcore, really?
Shady, I used a grappling hook.
Whoa, why are you here?
Oh, another present. I'll take it. Thank you.
I lost all my stuff.
Come on, give me some good loot.
Explode.
Really, Mia? Nah, you cut it out over there with the explodies.
Explode.
That just... Okay, really? Oh, you're gonna regret that. You're gonna regret that.
Whoa.
You know what? Dance.
What?
Yeah.
You skibbity.
Dancing in the da.
Zoe, get over here. Mia,
Really, bro?
you get over here. Shady, no chug jug for you.
Hey.
Oh, nah. Oh, grapple glider. I would like that.
You are not finishing this lucky block race.
Yes, I am.
What does this do?
I'm eating peppermints.
Oh,
I think Zoe just tried to kill me.
I just found something. I don't like it. Oh, Mia, that's smart.
Leave me alone.
I covered up the hole.
Ooh. Wait, I got a skibbity sword. I don't want it, though. I have better items at my disposal. Okay, if I can get to the end of this, I can get that last...
What's a shadow flopper?
Stop it. Cut it out.
Hi, I'm SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, I don't want to talk to you right now.
A present.
I don't have anything.
Well, that's too darn bad.
Enough with your shenanigans, SpongeBob. I'll throw this junk rift on you. Did you just miss me?
I hit Zoe.
To the moon, yeah.
Most of these items are buns. I don't even want them. Oh, sorry, Zoe.
I got scared.
Find the button. Oh, what?
Go.
Explode.
Go, go, go.
Okay, I gotta find a button real quick. I'll be right back. Where is it at? Is the button in the same spot all the time? I know it's somewhere around here. Oh, button. Yes, finally. Okay, let's go. Back to normal.
Whoa.
Woo!
I just stole bro's lucky blocks.
You stole mine?
Why would you do that?
No, Zoe's. Look, I just opened Oliver's for her.
Shady.
Hey, enough. I'm over here trying to open my lucky blocks.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
Go.
Okay, really? Are you serious right now?
Go.
I'm gonna eat some slices.
How can you do it so easily, Shady?
What just happened?
I'm eating some pizza.
Where'd all my stuff go?
Dance.
Did you lose all of it? Aw, Mia. Are you cereal bar? All right, hold on.
Zoe, can you kill me?
Yeah.
I'm eating the rest of my pizza. Mia, I'm watching you.
I'm just chilling, breaking my lucky block.
Okay, Skibberty. Give me more blocks.
Dude, I just lost my gun.
Nah.
My dream item. It's just gone.
Ain't no way, boy.
Dance.
There's a lucky block that you can get that just like removes all of your health and your items.
What? Hurry, look down. Oh, I'm in a dropper. Yo, wait, I'm goated though. I'm goated. Oh yeah. I think it's an item that you pick up that makes you drop all your items. Because the sword did that for me.
Yeah, but the sword is like it's different. It's different though. It actually gives you a sword.
Yeah, true. What is a nitro splash? I want it. Give me that. Oh, that was awesome. Look, we're fast.
Thank you.
Yes, of course. Boogie bomb, impulse nades. I don't want that. Hey Zoe, no balloon for you. Cut it out.
Oh, why would you take my balloon?
You don't get to use that in final fight.
Oh, die.
Dual pistols? I don't want those. Hey! Hey!
Whoa, chill.
Enough. I'm almost done with my lucky blocks. You're gonna regret that.
Chill, bloody.
Come on, give me more items.
You taking my items, Shady. See you.
Bunka gang.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
I would love it.
I die in the void.
I love it a lot. Mia, are you done with your lucky blocks?
No, I am looking at every item.
Oh. Okay, Skibbity.
I got full health. 500.
What? That's full health?
I died.
Yeah, 500 for both.
Oh, assault rifle. Give me that.
Hey, who broke my lucky blocks?
Boon gang.
I didn't even get to break them.
That's what I'm saying. Shady did that for me.
Boo gang, boo gang, boo gang.
Stop it.
Sorry, Shaq.
Okay, you know what? You're lucky I don't have my grenade launcher.
Sorry, Shaq.
Wait.
Break to begin final fight. Oh, I see it. Okay, Martin. Is there shields around here? I need more shields.
I need more bullets.
More bullets. Please. Please give me. Yo, my items are buns.
Die.
Do, 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 do.
I need some better items.
30 more seconds.
Ow. Road.
And dance.
Did you try and get me, Mia?
Oh.
Road.
That was embarrassing.
I tried to get shady.
Oh.
I have more.
Hey, enough with the dancing. You'll dance.
Oh. No.
Whoa, I don't want to dance.
Zoe.
Nay, nay, before you get a whooping.
Sorry.
Ow, ow, ow.
Wait, I want this. Ow! Okay, really, bruh? You're gonna regret that, just so you know.
Oh, nah. Were those my wings?
Oh, yeah, they were.
You bloody.
I like my balloon.
Wait, we can break this final lucky block now, I think.
Oh, let's break like it.
All right, let's go. You have 30 seconds to prepare for final fight.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh, we gotta go.
Do I have guns?
Oh, we gotta go.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
Hey, you bloody.
I don't know if I have guns.
You bloody.
There's weapons on my side.
There's weapons on your side, Mia? Okay.
I'ma damage you.
I have a lot.
Ooh.
Wait, don't kill me. Don't kill me.
I'm in a wall.
Hey, you stop it.
You bloody.
0 ammo. That's bad.
Yo, shoot him.
Oh.
Give me some corn.
Oh, geez. We have 3 seconds. It's final fight time.
2, 1.
Yo, what?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Wait a second. I don't even have a shotgun.
Dude, I have a flint knock pistol. That's all I have.
Oh, gosh. Wait, we just have to fight with these items now.
Guys, I don't know what weapons I have.
you're dead, Zoe.
No,
Wherever you are.
I'm not dead.
I don't know where you're at.
I don't know where I am either.
Wait a second. Can I do something like this? Oh, yeah. Oh, I like these wings. They're so goated. Now, where are y'all at?
Where am I?
Is somebody down in there? Better not be. Who's over here?
Oh, nowhere.
Who's over here? Oh, I almost hit that.
I'm hiding.
I see someone.
Who do you see?
I think that's Mia.
Wait, what?
I am hiding.
Somebody next to me?
Are you downstairs?
Yeah.
Stay away.
Oh.
I'm just a girl.
Yo, how does this grapple gun work?
Wait, I see Shady. Melt him. Okay, all those shots just missed. Oh, that was embarrassing.
Hey, you stop it.
Never.
I only have a flint knock pistol.
Never take this. Oh, I missed. Oh my god.
Ow.
Wait, I'm low-key buns.
Uh-oh.
Let me lock in. My aim needs to be a lot better than that. Who's that? Shaq?
Ah!
I melted her.
Die!
Who just threw that?
Uh-oh.
Ugh.
Die!
You die. You die.
Ah!
You die.
Hi, you die!
You die.
No!
You die, Zoe. Where are the rest of you at, huh? Wait a second. This is low-key not good. Low-key, this is buns. Get me out of here. I need to get out. Yo, what is this quick edit stuff? I don't like it.
I'm scared.
I'm healing. Come and get me if you can find me. I'm healing over here.
Someone's shooting at me.
Who is it?
Someone throw a water bottle.
I think it's Shady.
Watch out. I'm about to show y'all what's up. Wings time. Yeah.
Whoa, Mia, wrong dude.
Oh, yeah.
Where are y'all at? Huh? Oh, I see Mia.
Die.
Okay, hold on. Wait.
He's trying.
I am trying.
Here, where is he again?
Mia, where you at?
You're above me?
I am above you. Hey, enough with the rocket launcher stuff. I don't like it.
Okay, what do I do here?
Oh my goodness, this quick edit stuff is weird.
Mia, we got a team. This guy's too OP, bro.
What are you talking about?
True beats.
You don't got a team? I'm getting out of here.
Yeah.
We got a team.
Do not team.
Oh, I'm dangling.
You better not.
How do I get up? Where are you?
I don't know. I see Shady though.
Uh-oh.
You stop it.
Shady, be careful.
You stop it.
You stop it.
I'll rocket launch him.
Hey.
Do it.
Hey, there's no need to team right now.
Again.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god. Guys, really? Is this necessary?
Do it. Press it.
Is this necessary right now?
Press it.
Get him, get him, get him.
What the heck is that?
Yeah, I'm a bird. Oh!
How do I get out of here?
I fell. Oh, who just died? Was that Mia?
Dude. No, I didn't know I would die. Bro, I have like 200 health.
Wait, what?
Why am I dying to a fall that little?
How do I use these gloves?
That is so weird.
Wait, what?
Oh wait, grapple glove. That's what I want. Give me that.
Yes, yes. Give me that. Ha.
Are you trying to kill me right now? I'm down here.
Come down here. Ah!
I'm down here, Mia.
Okay, this is like not fair because like I can't build.
Oh my god.
Mia, you're gonna die.
Mia, just spray at him. Just keep spraying.
I'm spraying.
Just don't run out of bullets. Just keep spraying at him.
Die.
Okay.
Mia, die.
Where is he?
Mia, die.
Yes!
Oh, he's for. Oh my gosh!
I had nothing but a shotgun.
I don't know.
Let's go.
Now I'm gonna speed on these lucky blocks, and I'm gonna get to that last one. And
I'm not being Mr. Nice Guy anymore.
I'm not playing around anymore. Let's go. You, me, battlefield. Now. Oh, I can't even break my block.
Okay.
Bro, I got find the button.
Yes, it's good. That is great news.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, a jetpack? Is that good?
Oh, we're already going?
Yeah, we're already going.
Dude.
We are locked.
Didn't even wait for me.
Okay, bullets. I'll take that. Come on, give me some good items I could use.
Oh.
Shadow flopper. Guess I'll take that. Why not? But no, parkour. Oh, geez. Oh, gosh. Wait.
I got myself some ammo.
I have a jetpack, so honestly, I could cheat this whole parkour if I just do this.
What?
Oh, yeah. I just cheated the parkour.
I got a dropper, dude.
Mwahaha.
Oh, you have a dropper? I did that too. All right, let's go. Back to it.
What does a bandage bazooka do?
Ooh, a regular pump.
Portafort. I guess I'll use that.
I like that.
Okay, Martins.
What does this do, Cash?
What does what do? Ouch. Ow.
Ooh. I'm keeping that.
Hey, yo. You better cut it out, bloody. I just need a regular weapon, please.
Zoe.
Please, game.
Yeah.
Give me something good.
What?
Bandage.
Oh, thank you.
I want a shoddy. A good shoddy. And an RPG. Oh, burst rifle? Drum gun.
I need better stuff.
I will take that.
Banana.
I need better stuff, too. Honestly, my stuff is buns.
Banana.
Banana?
I got 2 bananas in a row.
Alright, I got wings and a grapple glove. I love the wings. Do I want the sword, though?
Bro, another dropper.
It's about to throw me into something.
Really, Martin?
I have no weapons. No weapons.
Really, Martin? Alright, let's go. More. Ooh, RPG. I like it. I want you to press it.
Ow! Ow, your turret!
Oh, nah. Okay.
Dude.
You know what I want? I want a present. A present would be sick.
Help!
Are y'all dealing with zombies over there? I can hear that.
Ooh, zombies.
Ah, find the button. Wait, is it in the same spot, though?
Die.
Please be in the same spot. Oh, no.
Help me!
Oh, it's in the same spot. Yes. Why is there a zombie there?
Ooh, what is this?
Oh, my God. Get away from me.
Oh, I kind of like that.
Wow, I really love it. All right, give me a present or something. No, that's a boogie. Oh, how to get a pizza. Okay, I will take it.
Dude, how do I get out of this form, bro?
Are you in shadow form?
Yes.
Oh, nah.
Oh, you have to break a block.
Oh.
It's pretty terrible.
Wait a second. I got a bunch of machine guns. I love it. Do I love it, though?
Ooh.
I don't really know if I want it. Yeah. All right. I splashed myself with some speed chud jugs. Oh, I just got full health. Oh, dubs. All right.
Yes.
What else do I want? Nothing from there. Dual pistols kind of buns, not gonna lie. Clingers, I guess they're okay. I'm trying to figure out what here is actually good. A healing gun. Ooh, I will definitely take that. Thank you very much.
Med kit.
I got full health twice.
Lucky.
Oh, a bunch of ammo. Oh my God. Gimme. Boogie bomb. I got more ammo, more mats. Oh yeah, max builds.
Oh, yes. I love it a lot.
Okay, I
want to press it.
have a go to the loadout right now.
Ooh, presents.
Shadow flopper. Huh.
I do not. I have no weapons and I just fished.
Nah, I'm in shadow mode right now.
But I did just get full health.
Yeah. Oh, gosh. I'm stuck in shadow form. How do I get out?
Apple.
Break a block.
I hate it. I don't like it. Excuse me, Zoe. I'm just gonna break one of your blocks here, if that's cool. Oh no, you don't break a block. You just hold down left click.
Whoa. What do these do?
Oh.
Oh, Martin. Okay, I see. Can I steal Zoe's lucky blocks here? Oh.
Don't do it.
I steal.
That's rude.
All right, fine. I won't steal.
I'll kill you.
Ow. Okay.
Let's go. Full health.
I'm done. Oh, nah. Give me this. I stole your chug splashes, Zoe.
Why would you do that?
Because you damaged me.
Ooh.
Well, you were taking my blocks, so it's fair.
How much health does this lucky block at the end have?
You're like, this is useful.
Oh, yeah. I marked the final fight.
Nah, this dude already started the fight.
Good luck, everybody. You gotta get all your items.
Oh, sickening.
I have nothing.
I have nothing and I have 72 health.
You have 72 health?
I just died to parkour and lost all my stuff.
Hear me, I'll help you break your stuff.
Uh-oh.
Let's go.
I'm scared.
Start breaking. Start counting. Okay, cardboard boxes. Mia, you could use those.
Go.
I have nothing. I have no weapon.
Oh, no. That's not good.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, my God.
Sickening.
All right.
Sickening.
Now that I've started the game, it's time to kill everyone. Where are you at?
I got a weapon. That's all I have.
Oh, you did you? Well, I have a much better weapon, and I'm going to use my wings to fly up. Yeah.
I think I got some good stuff this time.
All right. I've got the high ground. Now what do I do? Is somebody under me?
You dance.
Ow! Yo, name before you get a weapon.
Who's fighting?
Nah.
You dance, boy.
Never. I will not dance. Cut it out.
Oh, yeah.
You cut it out, you Sigma.
Go.
Yeah.
Weave.
Where you at? Oh gosh.
I'm below you.
Okay, I'm taking a lot more damage than I expected. Die!
Take this shotgun.
Die! Oh gosh. I might actually be dead. Let me get out of here.
Guys, get him.
No!
Kill him.
No, don't you target me.
He's low.
Don't you target me.
He's low.
Get me out.
Everything is blocked off.
Where'd he go?
I don't like it.
Where's he at?
Nowhere? Don't worry.
Oh, I blocked myself in.
Okay, get away from me.
Okay, wait. Oh.
What health is he at? I shredded him.
Nothing? I don't have any health.
I didn't get any hits on him. What's this do?
Oh, Zoe, you're gonna regret that. Don't do that. Don't play with me.
No, I'm not gonna regret that.
Don't play with me. I'm angry.
Die!
You don't want to see him when he's angry.
Oh, nah.
Die!
Wait, what?
Zoe, stop it.
Is that an airstrike going on right now?
Die!
Zoe.
Minigun!
Oh, nah.
Oh. Uh-oh. I met an enemy.
Who's near me?
Cash, where are you?
Who is that?
Where am I?
Who is that?
Cash, where are you?
Nowhere.
Little buddy?
I don't want you guys to find me. I'm low. Y'all can fight.
I gotta break the wall.
I see someone.
No, you do not.
I think I see 2 people.
No, you do not.
Die, Mia, die!
Okay, where's everyone at?
Mia.
Ow! I have like 30 bullets to my name.
Da, boom.
No ammo.
No ammo!
No ammo.
No ammo. No ammo.
I'm hunting Cash right now, bro.
No, don't you hunt me.
He can't stay alive.
You better not hunt me.
He can't stay alive after what he did to his last game. Oh, I think I found someone.
What?
Oh no.
Ah, shit!
Oh my god, I just exploded my own stuff.
I have no ammo. I have 83 health.
Mia, what health are you at?
83, no ammo.
That's what health she's at.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
She's dead.
I go in ruthless mode. Where you at?
Kill him.
Cash gotta be at like 100 health. What health you at, bro?
I brought a lot of meds.
I don't know if I should say.
Don't you help him. What has he done for you?
I'll say he's good. I'm gonna be honest, Shady. He's good right now.
Hey, don't give him any hints.
You Martin?
Oh no.
Zoe, are you still alive down there? I know you are.
Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not.
Maybe Beans?
Maybe Beam.
Maybe Beans.
Maybe.
I'm building a huge platform around here.
I'm scared of Shady right now.
Why are you scared of me?
Shady, you're scaring her, dude.
You're scaring me.
You're scaring her, dude. Wait, who's that? Who's flying? Who's flying around me?
Who's lying?
I know one of y'all is here.
Oh, heck no.
I know one of y'all is here. But where? Hey, Zoe, what are you doing up there?
Hi. Hi.
I don't even think I can aim at you right now.
Whoa. Whoa!
What?
Oh, I almost got myself killed.
Oh, you're not above me anymore?
Yeah, I'm above you.
No, you're not.
Trick question.
No, you're not.
What if I am above you?
I already checked. I know that's not you.
What if I'm behind you?
You cannot be behind me, Zoe.
Okay, you're right.
You can only be below.
I'm gonna die.
Boom. Did that hit?
Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
All right, fine. I won't kill you.
It's shrinking.
Just kidding. I will kill you.
Ah!
Is she dead yet?
Uh-oh.
I don't think so.
What? Yo, my buns.
Hey,
Your buns.
Your buns.
take that. Boom. Take that. Boom. Brother.
Yo.
Oh, brother. Where's he at? Is he underneath?
I don't see anyone.
Oh, come on.
I wish I had
Wait, I just killed Zoe.
Oh!
Yes. That's another one down.
Where's Shady at? Is he out there?
Oh my god, it is burning me.
Ah, I'm being burned.
Wait, where's Shady?
Give me that.
Hey,
What does this do?
you better not be getting anything. Did you get a railgun down there?
No.
I know you did.
I hurting.
You liar. Where are you at?
Come down here.
Where are you at? I need to know your location. Boom. Ah, you make me angry. Boom. You don't want to see me angry.
Ooh, free stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ah!
Dude, I have like barely any way to get up to you.
Okay, I will come down.
And I'm not trying to get lasered out the air.
I will come down. I'm on my way down. Okay, I'm still keeping high ground. I'm not falling for it. You're gonna pull some trick on me.
Okay, Martin.
I don't like tricks.
You're the storm.
I know.
Where are you at? Doing what?
Shady, your mom's coming to get you.
You're a baka.
Nuh-uh. That is not true. You Sigma?
Are we gonna play a health game?
No, I don't have health. I can't.
We've gonna play a health game, huh?
I cannot play a health game. I'm gonna lose.
We gonna play some health game?
You baka. You baka.
We finna play some health game, bruh?
No. Let me in.
We finna play the long game, bruh?
Let me in, please.
We finna play the long game, bruh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Let me in.
I don't have health.
Oh.
That's right.
No.
I'm using a strat, bro. I don't care if it's cheap.
You teamers.
I'm not going out sad.
If you guys want to see a rematch, let's go for 10,000 likes. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we played Among Us Draft Mode, but we only enabled neutral roles. Every single person in the game is trying to win for themselves, so basically it's a free-for-all. Nobody can trust each other, and we're all just going for kills. And at the end, it comes down to a 1v1 to see who can get the final kill. This was way too much fun. We're playing draft mode, but you only have neutral roles to pick from. So it's time to see what everybody picks. And what player am I gonna be? Give me player 1. Ooh, player 2? I'll take it. I love player 2. Give me a good neutral role. I think I wanna be Berserker. That one looks terrifying. I feel like that looks like an imposter. By the way, a lot of us have no idea what some of these roles do. So we got Joker, Reaper, Arsonist, Amnesiac, Vulture. Is somebody gonna pick Jester? Jester's probably really hard to play with because you can't kill anyone. You just have to try and get voted out. This is literally just gonna be an all-out brawl to see who can kill who first. And I guess it's time to go. All right, it's Berserker time. Neutral, and I'm a Lone Ranger. Spill the blood of your enemies and become war. Wait a second. Wait. What? Okay, so I need to try and kill someone. Maybe I'll do it on Juliet first, and then I could spill her blood. Yeah, I'm gonna kill Mia. Well, Mia and Squid are already dead. Uh-oh.
Do we know somebody?
To be honest, I didn't see anyone that died.
I didn't see either. I don't even know where they went.
Me and Shady were like leaving spawn, bro.
I went to the right side of the map, but I saw a body fall to the ground, but I didn't see who did it.
None of you can kill. I'm voting someone random.
You're voting someone random. What if it's the jester? What if it's the jester? Or what if it's the target of somebody who is an executioner? Then you're gonna make them win.
The odds are in my favor.
I don't know.
I can't trust anyone.
Yeah, nobody can really trust each other. We're all just neutral roles that kill. I'm sorry, Juliet. I had to target you first. I'm just gonna go around killing everyone. I don't even care. There is also one imposter in the game. Juliet's back? How is Juliet back? What? Okay, I have no idea what role she is, but she's supposed to be dead. Like 100%. Also, if Alyssa tries to kill me, I swear, I'm gonna go for her first. I'm not scared. I'm not scared right now. Zoe's right there. Hey, Zoe, you gonna kill Juliet down there? I don't know about you. I'm gonna kill Shady. Oh, wait, I can berserk? What does that even mean? It has 17 seconds for a cooldown. Should I go kill someone else? Maybe I go around here. I want to go berserk mode. I'm curious what it does. I need to use my berserk. Let's go. All right, I'm berserk killing. My name is literally War. Oh, I don't have a cooldown on my kill. I can literally just kill everyone. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. What? I became War? Now I can just kill anyone? What did I just walk in on? Oh my, Juliet, you're alive?
Why is the whole lobby dead? Me and Zoe just passed the body.
Oh my goodness. Well, Juliet, I don't know if we walked in on that at the same time, but that body was an admin.
Okay, no, I think it's Juliet. She voted on that.
Yeah, Juliet's also still alive. Did nobody realize she was the one that was dead last round? All right, Juliet.
Could be a jester.
If she's the jester, we're cooked. Juliet was the Joker.
Oh.
Am I still in War form? Wait. Oh, the Berserker has transformed into War. Horseman of the Apocalypse. Oh, nah. Should I chase Nico down or should I just go camp the button? I feel like I'm gonna camp the button.
Don't you dare kill Nico.
I think it's Cash.
I ran to the button. I ran to the button. What are you talking about?
No, you didn't. You ran away from the button.
Zoe, I was literally at the bottom of the button, right as you called it. You're at the top right of it.
Yeah, but you were running after Nico.
Nico, was I running after you?
Maybe you were, but I don't know.
I saw you run after Nico. Is my game bugged or something?
We both just went down. I was not running after Nico.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me. I don't trust you.
I don't trust you.
All right, did y'all both vote me? All right, fine. I was the Berserker.
If Zoe's a neutral, I could be cooked too.
Yeah, no, Nico, you probably just gave her the win, but we'll see.
I don't know what happened.
I was the War.
I'm just a friendly imposter, guys.
Cash was the War.
I was the War.
Am I the only crewmate?
Yeah, no, you cooked yourself.
Well, Peanut was, but he died.
It's time for the next draft. Let's see what player I get. Oh, give me a good number. 2? I'll take 2. Yes, I get to pick second again. I'm gonna steal the best role from people. They're gonna be so mad. Arsonist, engineer, or crewmate. I'm going arsonist. Give me that. I think I can set things on fire with this role. I've never played as it. We have a baker, an engineer, a jester. Uh-oh. This is not looking good. Now let's see how this round goes. All right, time to be an arsonist. Douse players and ignite them to kill them. So I can just douse them in fire. And it shows everybody in the bottom left of my screen. I have no idea what that means. Is everybody gonna stay in the group though? I know nobody has medbay because everybody's neutral. Yeah, no, I'm good there. Oh my god, already?
Already?
Wait, who was that in front of us? Oh yeah, Meebo ran in front of us.
Peanut was behind us.
Okay, wait. Cash, Squid, me, Mia,
Peanut was behind me.
Peanut,
So who's left?
Miner, Zoe, Nico, Shady.
Ha, that does not help.
I mean, we could just vote someone out and they would be at, like, there's a high chance.
Yeah, true, but what if they're the jester? Or the executioner's target?
Yeah, nah, we don't want to risk it.
Nico sounding sus.
I'm saying.
All y'all are sounding sus. What you mean?
Ah, that's true.
Nico the Jester, bruh.
Yeah, we skip.
But Nico, Zoe, Shady, we're all sus of them, right?
Bro, who voted me?
It was you, bro. You know you voted yourself.
You the Jester, bruh.
Nico is definitely doing a jester play. What?
Starved by Peanut?
Wait, how? Nobody can eat me.
We got starved? Ah.
What is this game?
It's time for the next draft. Everybody gets to pick their roles. And I'm player number, come on. Okay, 6, it's not bad. I'm like right in the middle. I just want a good role. I want to be able to kill again. War was so fun. Somebody already picked Pelican. I don't like that. Why did player 2 pick crewmate? Who picks crewmate? Okay, we got a Joker, a werewolf. I'm gonna choose a glitch. I don't know what a glitch does. It just sounds cool. And the round's starting. We got a bunch of different roles to go. Neutral, Lone Ranger, glitch. Murder players as the glitch. So I just kill? I can mimic people and kill. And I can also hack people. Well, I'm just gonna run away from everyone. Get away. Who should I mimic? I'm gonna mimic someone over here. And wait, can I hack something like the button? No, I cannot. All right, let's mimic Alyssa. Okay, really? I just got killed immediately. Are you serious? I didn't even get time. Aw, bruh. I really liked that role.
So I saw absolutely nobody, and it looks like Nico got eaten.
So we need to explode a pelican. We need to puncture the pelican's stomach.
It was shady.
Technically, it's all of you.
you.
Where was the body?
He is dead right outside of admin.
Yeah, whatever. We know the deal. Just skip.
Please don't kill me, everyone.
Peanut's the doomsayer or whatever, bruh. I wasn't even near him.
Wait, no, I think he just wants you gone. He's the executioner.
Yeah, I meant the executioner.
It's kind of funny just watching people. Alyssa's the pelican and she just gets to swallow whoever gets in her way. I don't even think Juliet saw that. Alyssa just swallowed her and kept walking. Pelican's probably one of my favorites. I really liked Glitch though. If only I was able to use it. Juliet's not even gonna press the button. Peanut's over there as Jester, just doing Jester things. And Meebo's dead. Who killed Mebo? Was it you, Squid? Oh, he just ate a dead body. Oh, I forgot the vulture just likes to munch on dead bodies. And the Peanut's dead. Yo, this is absolute chaos. Everyone's just dying. Peanut was Jester. Zoe, I think she's just a regular crewmate. It's not showing anything above her head. And here's Squid. Okay, Squid's dead to Shady. Wow. And he's just gonna walk out and Zoe's not gonna know it's a thing. Well, I think everyone's gonna die here. Who's gonna win it though? This is literally just a free-for-all to see who can win this. Shady's standing on a dead body. Zoe's still just AFK over here. I don't know what she's doing. Zoe, there's a dead body right here. What? Am I confused? I think this is just up to Shady now. Let's see who's still alive. Squid. No, he's not alive. It's just Alyssa as the pelican. She just ate Zoe. And then Shady's over here as the jackal. I think he's just looking to kill Alyssa. I think just Alyssa versus Shady now. It's a 1v1. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Uh-oh. They're both trying to win for themselves. It's whoever gets to each other and then eats them first. Is it gonna be Alyssa or is it gonna be Shady? They're both looking for each other. Uh-oh. He just checked admin. He knows where she is. He's going to chase her down. Yo.
She's right there. Shady, she's right there.
Oh my god. Where is she going? And she reported a body. Well,
wow. Well, this is awkward.
So how's the weather over there, Shady?
I knew I was a little confused. I was like, bro, I'm not seeing anybody around here. It's a ghost town. I don't know. It's Alyssa, though. We could vote her out.
Yeah, we can vote Shady out, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, we could vote out Alyssa, actually. Dang it.
They both just voted each other.
GG, I guess.
Wait, who's gonna win this? It's a battle to see who can click faster. Who's gonna kill the other one first? Uh-oh. Who's it gonna be? Mia said it's a stalemate. Come on, one of them has got to start chasing the other one. Oh my god.
Bro, my cooldown was at 1 second.
Bro, look at how many people got devoured by me.
That was a lot of people.
It just comes down to a 1v1 at the end.
My cooldown was at 1 second, bro.
I'm winning this next one. Not getting killed early anymore. What player am I? Come on, give me player number 1. Player 10. They're gonna steal all the good rolls. Just watch. I'm gonna be stuck with like crewmate and the imposter. Oh, player 3 got glitch and player 2 got werewolf. Oh my goodness, they're all getting the good ones. I better get something good or I'm gonna be really sad. Joker. Player 7 is just taking their sweet time. Executioner. Arsonist. Oh, I wanted that one. Survivor, and I guess I'll go engineer. Well, guess it's time for me to sit in event. Looks like I don't even get a neutral role. Are you for serious right now, bruh? All right, it's time to go engineer and sit in event. I'm immediately just hiding. I do not want anything to do with any of y'all. Get me out. 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 Vent. Ugh. Goodbye. Have fun, everyone. Oh, Shady, I'm watching you, bruh. I'm in the vent next to you. What you gonna do about it? Do I just have to do my tasks around the map? I feel like I might have to. I don't want to leave my vent, though. This is where I'm comfortable. It's peaceful, and Zoe's dead. Hey, who killed Zoe?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. I don't know who it was. I don't even know why I reported it, to be honest.
Cash, Cash. Let's vote Cash. Yeah, let's vote Cash, bro. He's definitely killing people.
You don't want to vote me.
It's a bailout.
Guys, don't kill me. I'm just a simple crewmate, all right?
I am a non-killing.
Were you player 1?
Was I player 1?
Player 1 picked crewmate. That was crazy for draft pick 1.
Player 1 is just nice and generous, and you guys should all be best friends with them.
Yo, Alyssa, can we get a move on? We ain't got all day.
My fault. My fault.
Hey, who voted me?
Yeah, get him out of here.
Dang, she's the executioner. You gotta kill her, Cash.
Yeah, you're the executioner.
Nah.
I don't even know what to do. What do I do as engineer? How do I win this? Get me out of here. No, thank you. I do not want to be a part of this. I'm hiding in my vents and nobody can say anything. Maybe I could do my tasks. Oh, Alyssa just hopped in a vent. Well, she's Jester. She's just trolling Shady right now. Peanut's right here next to Squid. Should I even do my tasks right now? I feel like it's just bad news for me if I hop out of one of these vents. You know what? Whatever. I guess I'll do this task right here. Quickly. Go. Go. I can win this. Get me out. Hopped in. And somebody killed. Shady just killed Juliet right there. Well, let's see. I have some tasks over in Specimen. Oh, and there's a dead body right there. Ew, so gross. This is so nasty. Okay, let's go do my medbay. Please, nobody kill me. I swear if somebody kills me right here, I just want to do my tasks and I'll be okay. All right? I need to be the last one alive. The pelican's gonna come swallow me, aren't they? Okay, I got specimen room stuff. Let me out. Literally, my goal is just to survive right now. That's all I care about. Okay, let's do this. Download. I really do not want to die right here. If I can complete every task, I win. Okay, there's one. 1, and then this is 2. Yes, yes. Get me out, get me out, get me out. I can win this. I can do it. Is somebody gonna be waiting for me on this side? Oh no, I'm good. I'm chilling. All right, I gotta be very quick here. I got some tasks. Question is, will I be able to do them in time? If I see someone, I'm running. Shady was right there. He's gonna come kill me. He's gonna come kill me. Get me out of here. No, I hopped an event. Are you kidding me, bruh? Ah, what? I tried it. I tried it. Wait, can I still do tasks as ghost? Let's see. Can I upload? I wonder if I could still steal the win as a ghost. Okay, hold on. Dropship. We'll do these keys. Let's go. And then laboratory. This one. I stole it. I stole the win. Yeah.
How did you wait? Did the crewmates win?
I did all the tasks as the ghost.
No way.
I was trying to do all of them and Shady killed me, but I clutched up as a ghost.
Shady killed everyone. Oh my gosh.
All right, it's time again. Give me player number 1, please. Please. Oh my goodness. Another high number? I'm gonna be stuck with engineer again. Oh no. Okay, and player 1 picked berserker. It's over. That's literally what I got first round. It's impossible to play against them. We got a werewolf, people picking random, a pelican. I'm gonna do executioner. Who's my target gonna be? I need to get them out. Oh, wait, neutral. Wait, why am I with Zoe? I have to vote Zoe out. Oh, okay. So I gotta make sure that she's the one that gets voted. Can I vent? I don't know if I can vent. Yeah, no, I cannot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get me away from Zoe. Oh gosh. I really do not want to die here. I just want to get Zoe out. And Zoe's dead. Well, guess it's time to go report it. Was it Shady that killed her? Nico, Mia? Well, I just know she's gone because the tag above my head just left. So I cannot play anymore. And I just got swallowed by Shady. All right. Well, he's the pelican. Good to know. Huh. Is he just running in circles, swallowing anyone that goes in his path? Oh, Mia's dead. Nico's dead. Who's gonna win this? Squid just got swallowed. I think Shady's just butterfly clicking his swallow button. Oh, okay. We're just stuck in his body right now. And he's not seeing anyone else. Who is the other one alive? I can't even spectate. I'm just stuck in Shady's body. Oh, gosh. This is bad. And the pelican wins.
Yeah, try to escape from me, bro.
We ain't even got a room for a meeting.
Try to hop in the vent, bro.
All right, give me a higher number than 9 this time. Please. Please. Oh, okay, 5. Right in the middle. I ain't too mad at it. As long as it gives me a good set of roles to choose from. Bomber. Oh, God. Werewolf. Uh-oh. I'm gonna choose Reaper. Let's go. I think I can kill with this role. I don't know if I could vent. All right, we got 2 crewmates and an engineer. They're just gonna try and do their tasks, I'm pretty sure. I don't like that. We can't let them.
Let's go.
Neutral, and I have to gain the souls of the dead and become death. So I have to kill enough people to become death. Let's go. Who do I want to collect first? I just need to collect everyone I see. I'll collect Alyssa's right there. Now her soul is mine. Who else am I supposed to collect? Oh, already.
So Juliet's the pelican. Something happened with Alyssa where I think she shot or killed Squid. It was Squid, yeah.
I think Juliet's the janitor.
She's either the pelican or the janitor. Just somebody's body disappeared.
Did it fade away?
Wait, it could be Nico too on the janitor, but I think it's more Juliet. I think it's Juliet.
No, Zoe's the executioner. She's trying to get Juliet out.
No, I'm crewmate. No, it's not me.
She cleaned up a body right in front of us.
And then Alyssa killed Squid after Squid killed Miner.
Bro, I don't even think you can get janitor in this game mode, bro.
There is no janitor. It's either she's the pelican or something. But actually, wait, no. How would the body disappear and she's not dead? I'm confused.
Yo, catch you on 88 seconds because I think the game's glitched.
Oh, nah. What happened to Mia?
Somebody got disconnected. Oh, no. What the Martin?
What happened?
Is she guilty? Juliet was the vulture? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I need to collect some more souls. I'm not really sure what that means, but I need to collect at least 5 of them. I'm not even really sure. Anybody that comes near me, I will collect your soul. Do not mess with me. All right, let's go collect someone over here. Hello? I'm just gonna butterfly click. Someone's bound to walk through here. Collect. Can I collect it? Maybe they need to be dead. I don't know what collecting really means. I want to watch someone die, and then I try and collect their souls. Oh, nah, there's a bomb on me. Yo, I'm gonna throw the bomb on you, Alyssa. No, I tried to throw the bomb, and it didn't work. She just killed me. Am I cooked? Peanut just walked past my body. Really, bruh? And Zoe's dead. Nico's just watching this happen. I'm not sure what he thinks. Is he gonna go try and kill Alyssa? Or is Alyssa gonna kill him first? Oh, gosh.
How dare you kill the only person I'm trying to save?
Is he talking about me?
Who was it?
Alyssa.
Oh, nah.
Get her out of here.
Is she a pelican?
No, I'm not.
She killed Zoe.
I think we skipped this round.
No, Zoe. Do your dad. Do your dad. Okay. I'm doing mine.
They voted Alyssa out, which means it's just Meebo now. And she's dead.
See ya, Alyssa.
Now it's just the crewmates and Meebo, who's the imposter. Which I don't even think he can kill, to be honest. Is this just an automatic crewmate win then? It's gotta be. Meebo can't even kill. I'm pretty sure it's just up to Nico now. Once he completes the rest of his tasks, the crewmates will win. And there we go. It's a dub for the crewmates.
Let's go! Clutch it up for the gang.
I'm sorry, Meebo. I know you couldn't do anything. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys. Bye. Skate your way over to cashnico.com today. Today, I played prop hunt with my friends, and I made them absolutely hate me with some of my hiding spots. We started glitching outside of the map, making it impossible for them to kill us, and we'd use abilities to teleport away whenever they found us. It was hilarious. All right, it looks like I'm starting off as a hunter. I'm blind, so I can't see anything.
Oh, nah.
Oh gosh.
Are y'all hiding around a house? Just know I'm gonna find each and every one of you.
No. I'm scared.
Bored.
Oh, yes, I will. And now the hunt is started. There's guns I can pick up around here, and I'm gonna definitely pick up one of these. Give me that. I can only get the red ones, so I might as well get this. Is this a sticky bomb?
I'm not gonna lie, I think I already glitched the game. I'm in such an overpowered spot.
All right, well, it's time I start shooting stuff around here. Anyone near me? Nah, doesn't look like it. None of these power-ups are for me.
Oh gosh.
If they're blue, that means they're for the hiders, so I can't pick them up. I can only go for the red ones. Anyone around here? Yo, this house is huge. I'm gonna clear out each room one by one. Wait, did this box just move?
Yo, ain't no way y'all are finding me.
Nobody's finding me, bro.
Okay, I'm set.
Hold on, someone's gotta be around here. I feel like I'm hearing sounds.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Yo, I'm literally, I'm underneath the floor right now.
Are you serious?
I think that's just a POV, Nico.
Whoa, who's that?
What, you think?
What in the world? Did they just use their ability?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie.
I think I shot someone. Explosive bomb?
Oh no.
Wait, hold on. What if I use this explosive bomb?
I'm in such a good spot, bro.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I just learned how to use a bomb.
Y'all can't get mad at me because I literally can't get out of here.
You can respawn yourself.
Wait, who's near me?
Yeah.
Who's that?
You know what? What if I just start looking around? Ooh, there's a bomb right here.
Who's what?
I'm gonna go upstairs because I feel like that's where everybody's probably hiding.
Oh my gosh, okay. I'm hiding.
I got radar scanning. Hold on.
Oh no.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
Can you see us?
I'm not sure how this radar works.
I don't like the sound.
I gotta get this.
Wait a second. Is there someone around here? Who is that? Who is that? Peanut?
No.
No. I just killed the peanut. He was in human form.
No!
Yo, the radar is OP. Okay.
I didn't know you were there.
Well, that's one down. Now there's another hunter on my side. So it's only going to get easier as I go on. Okay, what is that sound? I want to find a power-up that gives me a better weapon. Yes, like this. What is that?
It's a villager dying.
Oh, it's a sniper.
I gotta be careful.
Hold on. This sniper's going to one-hit y'all if I get near you. What is it? Wait, I hear something.
No, you don't.
Is someone in here?
No.
No.
Is somebody in here?
No.
Oh, really?
What is that photo?
Hello? You said a photo? Maybe I'm blind. It looks like you only have a limited amount of ammo in the guns, though, so you can't waste the bullets too much.
Yeah, use it wisely, dude.
My gosh, I'm scared.
Peanut, you seeing anyone?
No.
Is somebody near me?
I'm pretty sure I see Mia, and I think Mia sees me.
I'm gonna throw a bomb in here.
Wait.
Yeah.
I think I do.
That's me, bro.
Oh, let's go. Okay.
Peanut, just look around downstairs. I can get the upstairs.
Okay, I'm a godsend.
Okay. I wish I could jump higher.
Just chilling. Don't mind me.
Yeah. No one up there. No one up here.
There's 2 upgrades in the where we are, Shady.
This spot is so hilarious. I'm so confused right now.
Wait, you said there's 2 upgrades?
Cash.
What?
Press left alt.
Wait.
I know. I can go first person.
No.
No one's in here. I think I've checked the bathroom way too many times.
Yo, an escape route. There's an escape route, JD.
Where?
Wait, they're talking about an escape room, Peanut.
Yo.
Explain it.
Over here.
Do not let them escape. Where are y'all at? Where are y'all at? If I see a moving prop,
It's much more breezy.
there's no way you can actually get outside, right? That door doesn't open. Check the outside. I'm gonna place something right here.
Guys, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm in some sort of garage, and I'm underneath a floor.
What? Wait, do I see you?
No, I don't see you.
Huh.
You're not. Oh, I'm out. That took a while.
You got out? Let me think. What if I just stand still? I see a box. Who is that?
Oh!
It's Nico.
No, you don't see me. You don't see me. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. See your peace out, dude. Peace.
Ain't no way. Did you use an ability?
Yo.
You're still in here. I know you are.
Somebody's in the toilet.
You ain't never find me, bruh.
Wait a second. This table's literally moving. All
You just change it to something else, or you're cooked.
What? Oh my gosh, okay.
right, I'm gonna place that right there. Yo, Peanut, put sticky bombs in the door entrances.
Oh, really? Okay.
I'm so cooked, dude. I had such a good prop.
I saw Nico and he escaped. I'm so sad.
Dude, no way.
Wait, what'd I just see? Yeah. Bomb.
I think we're good.
Bomb, nice.
Someone's around me.
Ah!
Yo, were you there the whole time?
I was trying to sneak around behind you. Yeah, I was there for quite a while.
Is there anyone else?
Okay.
What?
I'm in a good spot.
Where y'all at? Oh, I know they're near us because they're laughing.
I was in a crazy spot before, but like, bro, nobody is finding me.
Oh, watch. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna be the one to do it. Give me that gun.
How do we know if what we're hitting is a player?
It'll hurt you if you hit the wrong thing.
No, it doesn't. I'm just gonna shoot every single prop in this garage. Once I can clear it out. Okay, no one's that bug. No one's that. These are all safe.
I don't know.
No one over here. Is that a chain? Wait, I think the garage is clear. I've literally shot like everything I could.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
I hear people, but I still want to be found.
Well, it's time to radar scan. Let's see.
I'm stuck.
Oh, wait. There's somebody over here.
You're stuck?
I'm stuck. My spot is so good. I'm stuck, bro.
Is this a piece of cake? Wait a second.
No.
Train car? Oh, it was Zoe.
No.
The radar is too good.
Is there anyone in this bedroom?
I'm placing a bomb there. Okay, there's still 3 hiders left.
Ain't nobody finding me.
Careful.
I got another radar if y'all want me to use it.
Wow.
Yeah. Come upstairs in the toy room.
All right, let's go. Radar time. Boom.
Use it, bloody.
Oh, radar. It's telling me people are over here. Wait a second. What is this? I just did an ability. It's telling me people are over here in this room. Look for them. Close the door. Do not let them leave.
I'm gonna throw one right here.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna throw a bomb up there.
Throw that bomb. Good. Clear that area. Yo, is that painting shady?
Yo, I see someone. Oh.
Wait, someone's jumping around. Yo, did they just go out the window?
Yo, what?
You could do that? They got an escape route. Do not let them leave.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
Where are you at, Mia?
They couldn't have gone far.
Yeah.
Find them.
Wait a second. Is it these boxes? Oh, wait.
Everyone stays safe.
It's not any of these boxes. She's hiding somewhere on the roof. She's got to. There's no way she got back in. Hello?
Stay safe.
Mia, do you see me?
Oh, no.
I'm literally right next to you, bro. I just watched that.
We need to get another radar. Try and pick one up around the map.
Go. There they go. They're in the window.
Oh! Yo, who is that?
Yo, I see someone. I see someone.
Oh, who is that? Did they just use an ability and escape?
They're dead.
Is that a player or a hunter?
Someone's dead. I think that was that the miner?
No, that was someone.
It could have been the miner.
Oh, that's a hunter.
Oh, I...
My fault. Hey, there's a guy right there.
Go, 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 go. 4.
Wait a second.
Yo.
Once you guys kill it, that person...
They trapped me.
Oh, is that a bubble? Oh, nah.
No.
Wait, is Mia dead? That means it's just Shady. And I have another radar.
Y'all are not finding me.
Wait a second.
Shady's in like a glitch spot, bro. He's stuck.
Wait.
No, I'm not stuck. I can actually get out, but I'm just in a little chill little area.
My radar's not detecting him. Wait a second. It was detecting him. Over here, I think. Hello? Are you in the bookshelf, Shady?
Oi, Martin.
Oi, Martin. Are you around here somewhere? No way he's a book, right? Shoot every book. Maybe he's not.
I know what a book.
Make sure we close all the doors, too. We cannot have him escape. He's definitely somewhere around here in this main room. He's got to be.
Are we sure?
Oh, Shady? Are you around here?
No.
Hello, Martin.
You guys are not finding me, bro.
No, he has a minute. We gotta hurry. Everyone pick up abilities.
Nobody is finding me. I am the goat hider.
I'm trying to find him.
I am the goat.
How he do it? It don't make sense.
I don't know.
I'm gonna place that right there.
It don't make no sense. Yeah, make no sense.
Yo, who is AFK?
What? I just came down here. What do you mean?
Oh, nah. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna find him.
I don't know where he is.
Or he might be out here. No, he's not.
Ain't no way. I wish I had another radar.
I don't have one. All I have is a mine.
Okay, Shady, have we gotten close at least?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of you have gotten close.
Oh, he's over here.
Really? Okay, after the time's up, you have to come out.
Cash is close, and somebody else is close, too.
He's gotta be one of the books.
Interesting.
Am I going crazy?
I think he's upstairs.
No way.
It's gotta be in here.
I swear the radar said downstairs. Maybe I'm twipping though. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
A bomb.
I just lit it on fire. He might win this.
Show yourself, Shady.
Where is he?
Last second, come out.
I literally don't see him at all.
I'm out.
Wait, you're out? So you weren't here?
Yeah.
Where is he?
Where was he at?
I don't even see him.
Bruh.
What's up, guys? I'm downstairs right now.
What?
Where?
Downstairs?
Ain't no way.
I didn't even see.
Yes, Martin.
Oh, it's time to be a hider this time. Let's go.
Is it Zoe?
I think it is Zoe.
Oh no, it's me.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, what can I become?
Oh.
I want to become this. Oh.
Wait.
Wait a second.
Are you a piece of cake?
Me?
Whoa, who is glitching up there?
I'm glitched.
I just watched somebody fly.
Wait a second. What?
I just watched somebody fly, bruh.
Whoa, what? No, that's crazy.
I'm literally glitched.
I don't know if my spot's that good.
You see me, bro?
I need abilities.
I watched someone do something crazy and now I want to do it. Be quiet.
Nico, you think that's a good spot, bro? I gotta show you. I gotta show you the way.
Do you know the way?
Well, no. Maybe that wasn't me.
Where's she at right now?
Guys.
Do we got eyes on her?
No. I'm glitched.
Wait, can you guys confirm something for me? Can you get to the downstairs balcony in this game?
I don't think so. The patio?
I don't know.
The patio?
Help me, I'm glitched.
Downstairs balcony?
Yeah, the patio. Can you guys get to the patio in this game? game?
I haven't gotten there yet.
Hello, anyone here?
Anybody got eyes on Zoe?
Oh, it's over.
I think living room?
Oh, who is that? I just saw somebody move.
It's over.
I thought I just saw someone.
Uh-oh.
Wait a second.
I want to become that too.
Nico, are you the cake on top of the bunk bed?
No, that's me.
Ooh, protective field. Oh, yeah.
Yo, I'm on the downstairs patio.
No way.
Yeah, let me get down there. I know how to get down there.
All right, I'm gonna go over here.
Wait.
Hey, yo, who's this? Who's this?
Who's up there?
Dude, no. I found a glitch spot. This is crazy.
Oh, wait.
Guys, I'm actually glitched. Please help.
Give me that.
Yo, Shady, I gotta show you the strat, bro.
No, bro, I've been known to strat.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, Peanut got caught already.
Ooh, somebody gave away their spot. Jenny gave away my spot.
Oh, this is so bad.
My bad.
Let me up there.
Where's the balcony?
I will forever remain glitched.
Yo, what in the world am I doing right now? Mia, I think you can respawn yourself.
Wait, how?
Press T.
Reincarnate?
The stuck keybind.
Yeah, no, we stuck. We stuck.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yo.
Yo, Shady.
What was that?
Oh my goodness.
What, bro?
I was not paying attention. I was getting shot by someone.
That was you!
Dude, I'm trying to do my strat. It's just not working right now. It worked last time.
Where'd you go?
Oh my goodness.
Where'd you go?
I'm out.
You were like a tamale.
I'm a hot tamale.
Great.
Wait, where are you guys at?
I lost the tamale.
Martin, you Martins.
Are you still on the patio?
No, I'm somewhere even better, bro.
Where did you guys go and where can I go?
Where are you?
Nowhere.
Oh my, bro, I have X-ray in the house.
Oh.
How?
I have X-ray in the house right now, bro. I can see inside.
Was it an ability?
No, I'm glitched. I could just see. It's like I'm like a camera right now.
Oh, nah.
I'm going on my own adventure right now.
Wait.
Dude, where are you guys?
I need this. Give me that. Yes. Okay, Dubs.
Yo, is it crazy to say I'm outside of the house right now?
How'd you get there?
Dude, I don't know. I think the toilet paper is like glitched. If you find a toilet paper roll, you can like go through walls.
Oh, nah.
What y'all know about the TV remote?
The TV remote?
You're a TV remote?
Oh,
Wait, I might have the most goated idea of all time. I don't know if it is, though. Let me try and do this.
bro, Shady, make your way outside, dude.
Oh, I can't do that?
It's not working this time. It's weird.
Hey, who's on the balcony?
I see you.
You see me right here?
Get over here! What are you doing?
See ya, Zoe.
He's walking on the sidewalk!
Yo, I'm collecting abilities while they're chasing.
Come back! Come back here, please.
Uh-oh.
See ya, Zoe.
Please.
What if the Martin?
Come here. What?
Oh my goodness.
I know, right? Look at him.
Yo, I just found the most goated spot.
What? Just give me.
Am I glitched? This is so good.
Yo.
We can't even throw stuff at him.
I have X-ray right now. I'm seeing through walls.
Get over here. Where is she?
I don't know. I can't see where she's at.
This isn't funny.
I think it's just Zoe and the peanut.
Dude, he's... I literally see Nico running around the garage. Or not the garage, the outdoors.
Bro, are you serious?
Die!
The one time, bro.
Did you get caught?
The one time I decide to...
Oh
no.
Holy Martin. Yo, if you guys have radars, you can use them.
You know, I need help. I'm not a good shot. I'm on the way.
Yo. I can't jump.
Peanut, help.
Oh, nah.
I'm right behind you.
I'm just saying these secrets need to lock in. They still haven't found me yet.
I lost... Dude, you're outside!
These secrets need to lock in.
We lost Shady.
Oh my goodness, who's that? Who did I just see? Oh, no.
What you mean?
Nothing.
I think we lost Shady. Wait, where are you?
I'm hiding in a very good spot, and I don't want to give it away. Wait.
I'm glitched in a spot.
I press H to heal. Oh, makes sense.
Brother. Where did you go, Shady?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let me see if I can get back in the house. I kind of feel bad trolling you guys.
This is like too much trolling.
Dude, how did you do that, Nico? I tried to turn into a toilet paper. It didn't work.
Dude, I don't know. I went through like the wall and then I went underneath like the balcony fence.
He was under the map.
Dude, it worked for me the first time and then like...
Crazy.
I'll just be honest. I'm glitched behind something, and I'm in between that and a wall.
Nah, we are all glitched right now.
Wait, Mia got caught.
Oh my gosh, I was stuck there.
Oh, nah.
Okay, you're probably still here, aren't you?
Yo, how do you get to the patio, bro?
How do you get there?
My strat just did not work this time.
I need to find an escape route.
I went through the side of the garage door. No, the wall. I went through the wall.
What?
I don't know.
Okay, where is Hash?
I just saw someone.
Don't ask me, dude.
Is that you, Shady, that's running around like that?
Who's the toilet paper?
What do you mean?
It's probably Nico. Whoa, someone's invisible over here! Who is that? What?
Wait, someone's invisible?
Yo.
Oh, nah, I forgot about those.
How do you do it in the garage? I'm gonna die.
Get up!
I'm gonna die.
How do I reload? How do you aim?
Oh, nah.
He's a truck! He's a truck! I keep missing. Kill him! Dude, I can't aim for the life of me!
I kind of want these power-ups.
Ow, what just happened?
Should I leave my spot to get them?
Where's Cash hiding?
No.
Wait, there's power-ups? Interesting.
Dude, yo, hit some shots, guys.
I'm trying!
Oh my goodness, bro.
Oh, Shady got found.
Finally.
Is it just me, Nico, and the miner now?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe.
Oh, gosh. We may be cooked. Unless Nico can clutch up for us.
Dude, Nico is already, he's on his own adventure.
Nah, I got you guys. You know what?
Dude, how does the radar scanning even work?
Yo, I'm exploring the map at this point.
It shows the red dots where they are.
Dude, I'm on an adventure right now.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Someone found me. Someone found me.
Hi,
Yo, I got out of there ASAP.
Nico. Nico, hi.
Oh, no, thank you.
Where was he?
Upstairs.
I was nowhere.
Hey, Zoe, how's it going?
You want to come hang out over here?
I'm okay.
You want to come get shot?
Yo,
Please?
chill.
Is someone back here?
Hey, yo, what?
It was.
What does Skibbity?
Where did he go? I can't get out.
He's literally on an adventure.
I've made it in the woods.
I got found, I think, by Mia, and I teleported away to another prop.
Brother.
I used my ability.
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm back in the house.
He's back in the house. Get him. Get him. Kill him.
Yo, Nico, glitch out, bruh.
Kill him. Where is he?
No.
Find him. I want him dead.
Oh, Martin.
Oh, yeah, what's up?
Oh!
What?
Dude.
Kill him.
Why is that a thing, bruh?
I'm in the floor.
Bro.
What?
Oh, no.
How you do it?
Is he right here?
Oh, wait, are they in the garage? Radar.
Wait, is Nico under the map, or is he just in the floor?
He's under the map, or he's like, he's out of the map again.
Dude, he's probably back outside.
You're outside?
No. I want to get back outside. I don't know how to get out there.
He's right here.
Oh! No!
Oh, no.
Yo, where was Cash at when y'all found him, bro?
Upstairs. Dude, he was over here.
No, I wasn't.
He was in the kitchen, and then I shot him right here. And then I just couldn't get him again. He could be still here. Are you still here, Cash?
I just gotta survive for 15 more seconds.
This is where I shot him.
Oh, I got this. Lock in.
Cash is in a glitch spot. We gotta find him.
Lock in.
Dude, I want to get in a glitch spot.
Yo,
You're probably right here.
who's missing the force field?
What? What do you mean?
Oh my goodness.
Come on.
Wait, who is this?
Ow, man.
The Toast Miner too.
I'm just happy I got Nico.
Now we're on a new map, and before the hunters are released, I'm gonna try and figure out which spot I want to be in. Oh, there's a lot of different hiding spots here. What do I want to become? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna become this.
Dude, there are not that many props on this map.
I know. I'm a little worried I'm gonna get caught like immediately. I'm not gonna lie. I should probably become something smaller than this. And I'm pretty sure the miner's the seeker. He's gonna hunt all of us down. Oh gosh. Give me something else. Give me this.
Yo, this is a massive map.
Massive?
I don't really know where to hide.
Neither do I. I can't zoom out my camera right now, but I can peek. No one there. Anyone over here? Okay, we're good. Huh. Are y'all gonna try and scavenge power-ups?
That's what I'm doing. I'm just running around.
Nah, I'm hiding. I'm looking for like somewhere to go.
Yo, I see the miner. I saw him.
Where?
I saw him.
Nah, I got a good spot.
Oh, get me away. Yeah, this map is ginormous. Can't believe there's more to this over here. All right, I'm just gonna stack up power-ups so when I'm in a pickle, I can just run.
Oh, what?
What happened?
Dude, you can turn on and off like flames with like buttons.
What? Ain't no way.
Yes. So you could like kill like a seeker or something.
Oh, I'm not seeing any power-ups.
Wait, who is this? Who is this? Stop moving. Everyone stop moving if you're moving.
Oh, me? This is me.
Oh wait, is this us right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm this thing going side to side. Who's the watermelon?
Okay, I'm the one jumping.
Oh yeah, I'm the one. I'm making a triangle.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's the move?
Okay, look. If you click this button, it'll shoot fires out of here. So we just wait. We just wait for it to come in, bro.
Wait, what? Oh.
Oh, I see. This. Okay.
It'll spit flames. Hopefully it doesn't come through the front entrance though.
Where is he? Toast Miner. I'm kind of worried.
Pleasure.
He better walk through the door.
Okay, I'll tell you when to use it.
Don't be suspicious.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I ready. Oh, give me that.
Ooh, I found a good spot.
Oh, let's go.
Dude, I can't even find the miner.
Bro, Cash, look at this.
Where you at? Whoa.
Over here, check this out. Look, I could fit
Oh, yo, the miner's shooting at me.
into this area right here.
Oh, that's goated. Yo, I think Shady's in trouble.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Activate it.
Ah, it's activated. Oh my goodness. Oh no.
I was shot dead.
Oh no. Did he not die? Oh my god.
He didn't die, bro. I sacrificed my life and died.
That means Shady knows what I am, so I gotta go change.
I think I'm in a pretty goated spot. No one's gonna find me.
I'm definitely not. I'm definitely easily visible if they find me. I'm a little worried. Maybe I'll be okay though.
Okay.
Because I use this ability and I go this way. Oh yeah. Okay. I gotta find an escape route, but I also can't be seen. Should I go that way? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go that way.
Oh!
Wait. Oh, you saw me. Oh no. Oh, this is bad.
Okay, if you guys see, if Cash dies, you're gonna know where I am right now.
Wait, can you shoot me in here? Ah!
Get him!
Get me out. Get me out of here, please. I left.
He's still there, bro.
I went bye-bye.
Dude, where's he at?
I went goodbye.
Nah, this dude's right here.
I used an ability to switch my prop to something else.
Where's he at, bro? Oh, he's changed. Did you go invisible, bro?
No, I just pressed a button and it put me in another prop.
What?
I can't believe the abilities are kind of OP.
Yeah, no kidding.
How'd you know? You had a radar?
I had to go back. No, I didn't. I just go back and double check. I was like, hang on, bro. Is this dude still here?
Okay.
Not the double check.
I'm sorry, but wait, who is that? Is that a hider?
I'm stuck.
Wait, Peanut?
No, please.
Oh, Peanut was in human form again.
Oh, nah.
Sorry, Peanut.
Yeah.
That was kind of messed up of me.
Okay, where are the other folks at?
I was doing something.
Well, if Nico's in the same spot, I know exactly where he is.
No, you don't.
Should I give it away?
No, you don't.
Oh, really? Okay, so if I go over there, you won't be there? Do not run. Do not run. You can hide, but you cannot run.
Yo.
Wait. I'm being shot. No.
Where are you at, Nico? Are you still here? Hello. Oh, he's not. Okay, he actually left his spot.
I think someone else is on me right now.
Yeah.
Oh, you found him, Peanut?
Yeah.
Oh, Dubs. Where he at?
Behind the box.
Watermelon?
Yeah.
Y'all don't see me.
What's up?
Wait, is he actually around here?
Yeah.
Am I tweaking? He's gotta be. Wait, what?
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Do y'all see him?
What is the sprinting in this game?
I know.
Dude. Hiders are way too overpowered. What is this?
He used an ability, didn't he?
Dude, I'm just hiding.
It's okay. We can also be OP if we just pick up our abilities. Oh, who's that?
Yo.
Who's that? Is that Nico? Oh, I'm missing my shots.
Get him.
Yo, light him up.
Yo, he's so quick. Hey, you little pumpkin. I can't even shoot. Oh, there we go.
Got him.
There we go.
Finally. So you have to stop sprinting.
Okay, now is it just Mia and Zoe?
I think so.
Yes.
Let's see if I can pick up a radar somewhere. Flashbang.
I don't understand the radar.
Yeah, I don't either. It's like really weird.
It is a little hard to read. You just gotta follow the direction the dots are at.
Oh.
No one's here. Okay.
You're not finding me.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. Zoe is hiding.
All right, let me get a radar and then I'll find you. There's got to be one around here. No, not that. Come on, give me some red power-ups.
Y'all gotta be behind some crevice.
Somebody's over here.
Most definitely.
Ooh, I'm stuck.
That's not a radar. I just need one so I could figure out their general direction. You know what I mean?
Somebody's on me.
What?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
I'm at the open.
Oh, right here? Is this you, Peanut?
Yeah.
Somebody's over here.
Yep.
Are you sure? I will do that.
Yeah, the radar's on me.
Oh, so they're maybe in the tree.
No.
No.
What?
They're gonna come out soon. Is somebody around here?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what in the world? Was that a flashbang?
Yeah.
They're definitely on top of the wall. They gotta be. Is it Zoe up there?
Zoe, are you even over there?
Zoya?
All right.
I may or may not be.
I'm gonna let Peanut keep looking there. I'm gonna go find another radar.
And they'll never know.
Where are you at, Zoe?
Nowhere.
Oh, really?
I don't want to tell you.
Radar, gimme. Yeah! Oh, yes, sir. Now it's time to really search.
Yeek.
All right, let's use it. Okay. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Wait a second. They left. They left the area.
Huh?
Trying to find a radar right now, too.
Yeah, they're over here, Peanut.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, every time I get near one of the cards, dude, it just disappears.
Are they in the plant? No. Where over here, though? Over here? Oh, my goodness.
I got a bomb cache.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Dude, I'm scared.
Peanut, it could be on this side.
Really?
Yeah, there's another side of this wall.
Oh, no.
Oh.
No!
Wait, I killed Zoe with my ability.
Let's go!
Were you standing in my fire?
I didn't know if I should move or not, and kinda, yeah.
Oh, nah. Does anybody have a radar? We can figure out where Mia is if you use it.
We only have 48 seconds.
Oh, there's a radar right there. Pick it up.
Oh, gosh.
You guys are not fighting me.
Go, go, go!
All right, use it.
I'm not getting anything on my radar.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Now I am.
where at?
I think it's this way.
Okay.
Wait, now it just went away. So does that mean it's back that way? Someone go check there.
She might have teleported.
Go check that way where I'm looking.
Okay.
I don't have a single ability on me.
Wait, you don't?
No, I'm poor.
Okay. So if we find you,
But I see someone.
you see someone.
Well, now I don't see them anymore.
Wait a second.
Uh-oh, 18 seconds.
I know where she could be.
Yeah, where am I?
She's got to be up here somewhere. Up on the second floor? Maybe not.
Who am I chasing?
Wait, you're chasing someone?
Turn around.
What?
Huh? Oh, she's right there.
Shoot her!
Yo. Okay.
Oh!
Yeah!
It said props have won.
Wait, what?
Oh my, that was so close.
Yeah!
I thought we won that.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.